to mention my lord, serial number 56. Kindly give us some time, my lord, to file your affidavit, my lord.
56.
Again.
56.
Instruction ମାଗିଛି ଆସିଲା instruction ଆସିଲେ ସେ ପାଇଁ କରିପାରିନି ଆଉ
Opposite party state.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Okay. List the matter in January. 11 January.
obliged.
Okay,
Item number 1.
Item 1, start.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, this is a criminal division and I am paying for bail, my lord. Your lordship already
Division कौन है इसे आगे कौन है paying for bail आए पढ़ेले. What is the issue? Why have you come here? What is the reason for coming here?
my lord, the lower court, my lord, convicted under section 363.
What is the story, sir? Under section I can read here. What is there? I can also read. What is the story?
My lord, story, my lord, the occurrence period, there was a victim was going to school, my lord.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
My lord.
ମୋ କୋର୍ଟ କୁ ପଢିକିରି ଆସିବେ ଯଦି ପଢିନି ତାପରେ ଟାଇମ ମାଗିବେ ପଳେଇବେ ବିନା ପଢିକିରି ଏଠି ପରୀକ୍ଷା ବି ଲେଖିବେ ଏଠି ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ବି କରିବେ ଏଠି ସବୁ ଏଠି ଏଇଟା କଣ ଇଏ ମଜାକ ଚାଲିଛି ସବୁବେଳେ କହୁଛି ଫାଇଲ ପଢି ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ଫାଇଲ ପଢିକି ଆସିବେନି କଣ ଏଠି ସବୁବେଳେ ଚାଲିଛି କେହି ଫାଇଲ ପଢି ଏଠି ଆସିକି ଫାଇଲ ଖୋଲୁଛନ୍ତି ଘରେ ଟିକେ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରିବେ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏତେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିକି ଦଉଛି କେସ୍ ଆପଣ ଟିକେ 5 ମିନିଟ୍ ସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ କରିପାରିବେନି ନେସେସରି ଆସିକି ଏଠି ଫେଲ ହଉଛନ୍ତି କାହିଁ କୋଉଠି ଆପଣ ପଢିଛନ୍ତି କୋଉଠି ଗାରା ଦେଖେଇଲେ ମତେ ପେନସିଲ କୋଉଠି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଟିକେ ଦେଖେଇଲେ ଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ ପେଜ ଦେଖେଇଲେ ଟିକେ ଫାଇଲର ଦେଖେ କିଛି କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ସିଧା ପଳେଇଲେ ଆଜି ଖୋଲାଖୋଲି ଚାଲିଛି
Sorry, man.
What is this? ସବୁବେଳେ କହୁଛି young counsel you should study something work hard than ଓକାଲତ profession ଏତେ easy profession ନୁହେଁ ମେହନତ କରିବାକୁ ପଡେ ଆପଣ ଏଠି ପରୀକ୍ଷା ଦେବେ ଏଠି ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରିବେ ଏଠି ସବୁ କରିବେ ଏଠି କପି ବି ଲେଖି ଉତାରିବେ ଦିଟା ସବୁ ହବ ଏଠି
May I assist your lordship?
yes please
Already in this case, the petitioners have kidnapped one minor girl while going to school.
what is the age of the girl
At that time, she was 16 years.
16 years
16 years.
okay and now you come for discharge
My lord, I am from the
Discharge.
diagnosed, my lord.
Discharge.
Discharge.
Your lordship granted my bail, my lord. You are kuch my
I'm asking question please
My lord.
please you are not able to help us
Aye,
at
aye.
least let him
Aye.
clarify the position so why are you disturbing
Aye.
in between yes so this is for discharge
Discharge. A direct involvement is there by the petitioner that cannot be denied.
there can't be discharge can't be I won't allow that ଆଉ discharge petition ରେ ଆପଣ ବେଲ୍ ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି what are you doing
my lord.
discharge ରେ ବେଲ୍ ମାଗନ୍ତି
Well, I am fine, my lord.
sorry
Division, my lord.
dismissed sorry ଲେଖ
Sorry, my lord.
sorry ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ତ ଅର୍ଡର ଡାକୁଛି ଆଉ the petitioner and
Sorry, my
another accused a petitioner and another accused
My lord, this
Well-
I'm sorry. This is against the order apple order in a revision as per section 397 of the CRPC.
so this is bail for that purpose
My lord.
କିଛି କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ନା କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଡିଭିଜନ କେମିତି ହେଲା
Revision of ଯେହେତୁ 3 years ରୁ ତଳକୁ ଆସି ଯାଉଛି it is revision.
Earlier appeal filed before the sessions court, my lord.
ସେସନ କୋର୍ଟ ତାକୁ ରିଡ୍ୟୁସ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ବର୍ଷେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ once 3 years ରୁ ତଳକୁ ଆସିଗଲେ it is
no I'm not saying that I know sir
My lord.
I'm asking what are you challenging first what is he challenging
The appeal order.
what is the order
Yes, ma'am. Appeal order.
what is the order against the order against judgment
My lord.
and from the beginning I'm asking is it for discharge I say yes
No,
He
it
say
is
yes.
no, I'm sorry, my lord. It is not for discharge, my lord. It is
It
appeal,
is against conviction
my lord.
then,
Against conviction.
it is rightly come to
My lord.
yes. Okay, issue notice to the opposite party you give a copy
My lord.
give a copy admit what is the sentence
1 year, my lord.
1 year.
1 year okay bail granted next number 2 ସାର୍
Item number
ପଢିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ଦୟାକରି ପଢିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଏମିତି ଆସିଲେ ଖାମଖେଲି ହବନି ଏଇଠି ପଢିକି ସିରିୟସଲି ଆସିବେ ନହେଲେ ନ ଆସିବେ ମୋ କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଯିଏ ଆସିବ ପଢିକି ଆସିବ ଆଉ ନ ପଢିକି ଆସିବ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ବ୍ଲେମ୍ ମି ଇଫ୍ ଆଇ ଇନସଲ୍ଟ ୟୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ
item number 2.
May I please your lordship?
ଟୁ ବି
Malad, this is a ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମେଞ୍ଚା ମେଞ୍ଚା କେସ୍ ଧରିକି ପଢିକି ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଏତେ ଲୋକର କେସ୍ ଧରିକି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ପଢେଇଲା ନା ନାହିଁ ଭଲ
Malad, this is a case relating to ex-cassia, my lord.
ହଁ
Ex-cassia.
ଏକ୍ସରେସିଆ କଣ ପାଇଁ
Due to snake bite, my lord.
ସ୍ନେକ୍ ବାଇଟ୍ କୋଉଠି ହେଲା
My lord, kindly turn to page 10, my lord. Annex.
Hon'Ble.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଅନୁଗୁଳ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
what is the report what is the PM report
PM report, my lord.
Not legible, my lord. Page 15.
page 15 ଏ ଡକ୍ଟରଟା କିଏ ଲେଖିଛି ଏ ଡକ୍ଟରଟା ଏମିତି ଲେଖିଛି କାହିଁକି ଲେଖନ୍ତି କାହା ପାଇଁ ଲେଖନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା କିଏ ପଢି ପାରିବେନି ସେଟା କଣଟା ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିବ ସେ ଡକ୍ଟର ନାଁ କଣ ସେ ଡକ୍ଟରକୁ ଡାକିବେ ଏଠି କଣ ଡକ୍ଟର 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 ନାଁ ବି ନାହିଁ ଷ୍ଟାମ୍ପ ନାହିଁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଏଟା କଣ ସଂଯୁକ୍ତା ପ୍ରଧାନ ଡକ୍ଟର ନାଁ କଣ ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ମେଡିକାଲ ଅଫିସର ଅନୁଗୁଳ କିଏ ପଢେଇବ ଏଟା
Sub assistant surgeon, my lord.
ହଁ ଯିଏ ବି ହେଇଥିବ କିଏ ତା ନାଁଟା କଣ ସାଇନ୍ ନାଁ ବି ଲେଖିନି ଏଇ ଲୋକକୁ ତ ଡାକିବି କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଯାହାହେଲେ ବି let the sub assistant surgeon Hon'Ble be present personally before this court sorry present through virtual mode to explain what he has written in the
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଥିଲେ
ଯେତେବେଳେ
ସେତେବେଳେ
ଯିଏ ଥାଉ ସେ ଏବେ ଇଏ ବୁଝିବ ଆଉ କଣ ଅଛି ସେ ତା ଆଗ ଫାଇଣ୍ଡ ଆଉଟ୍
ସିଏ
କରିବ
ବି ତାଙ୍କ ଅକ୍ଷର ସିଏ ବି ପଢି ପାରିବେ କି ନାହିଁ?
ସେ ପଢିଲା ସେ ତା ଯିଏ ଥିଲା ତାର ବାହାର କରିବ ତାର ଇଏରୁ ଯିଏ ଆଗରୁ ଥିଲେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ପୋଷ୍ଟିଂ ଥିଲା ବାହାର କରିବେ ଆପଣ
ସେ ଯିଏ ଥିଲେ
ଆପଣ ପଚାରିବେ ସେଟା କିଏ ଥିଲା କିଏ ଲେଖିଛି ବାହାର କରିବେ ଲେଟ୍ ହିମ୍ କମ୍ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କ ଥରେ ଡାକିଥିଲି ମୁଁ ଏ କଣ କାହା ପାଇଁ ଲେଖନ୍ତି ମାନେ କୋର୍ଟ ପଢି ପାରିବନି ଯାହା ପାଇଁ ଲେଖିବେ ସେ ପଢି ପାରିବନି ତ ଲେଖନ୍ତି କାହା ପାଇଁ ଡକ୍ଟର ମାନେ ମେଡିସିନ ଲେଖିବେ ମେଡିସିନ କେହି ବୁଝିପାରିବେନି ଯଦି କମ ସେ କମ କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ଲେଟର ଲେଖିବେ ସେଟା ବି ଲେଖିବେନି I can't spare like this inquiry କିଏ ଅଛି ଆମେ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କରନ୍ତୁ that comes to the state to inquire about the doctor who has prepared the PM report and intimate the doctor to be present before this court through VC on the next date of listing 12 ରେ ଆସୁ 12 ରେ ସେ ଡକ୍ଟରଟାକୁ ମୋ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରିବେ ଡକ୍ଟର କିଏ ପାଠ ପଢିକି ପାସ୍ କରିଛି ନା କପି କରି ପାସ୍ କରିଛୁ ଅକ୍ଷର ଏମିତି ଲେଖୁଛି ଏଥିରେ କିଏ ପାସ୍ କରିବ ତାକୁ ଏମିତି ଅକ୍ଷର କେହି ପାସ୍ କରିବେନି କୋଉ ଟିଚରକୁ କହିବେ ଏମିତି ଅକ୍ଷର ମାର୍କ ଦେବ 0 ମାର୍କ ଦେବ ଆଉ ଡକ୍ଟର କେମିତି ହେଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ
free copy of the order.
free copy of the order
Item number
May I
3.
please, Your Lordship?
Oblige, madam.
This is a matter regarding to grant of compensation due to LPG gas leakage in the fire accident cause, Your Lordship. And annexure 1 series, Your Lordship, page 7, the fire accident certificate, Your Lordship, by the Daspala Fire Station, Your Lordship. And thereafter,
item 3
thereafter he is claiming for the compensation amount, Your Lordship. And there is annexure 2 series, page 10, Your Lordship. Personal accident, 6 lakhs.
let me first clarify
Yes, Your Lordship.
is it an accident caused due to the burst of the cylinder where is that
Yes, Your Lordship.
where is that
Your Lordship, kindly have the glance to the page 7,
page 7
annexure 1 series. The fire
What is it
accident
written?
certificate.
fire accident certificate
Certificate.
certified that so and so
Caused due to LPG leakage, the fire brigade Daspala attended the above fire and extinguished the fire by CO2 gas.
okay
Wide FS fire report number such and such, dated 26/7.
CO2 gas thila LPG रे CO2 तो न था मीथेन था
This is the
CO2 can be
certificate
island.
given by the
धन्य से ऑफिसर CO2
Fire-
गैस एलपीजी रे CO2 था खाली से जो जो गंध बाहर से गंध पे मिथाइल मरकैप्टिन ऐड करा जाए बोले से गंधटा बाहर
yes, Lord.
दैट इज मिथेन गैस बेसिकली मिथेन रे गंध भीतर जना पड़ेनी सेति पे मिथाइल मरकैप्टिन ऐड करा जाए से गंधटा बाहर दुर्गंध जो हुए सेति
Yes, Lord.
आ CO2 केंदी हेला
This is given by the station officer, Daspala fire station.
10 पल्ला फाइव से तब CO2 गैस केंदी से पड़ी नहीं ताले किलो पाठ CO2 मिथेन रे डिफरेंस जानला ने से की पाठ पड़ी
And as per the RTA,
Okay, anyway, you have the accident report.
Your Lordship.
Discharge summary. You died there?
No, no, Your Lordship.
I mean, sorry, you're not.
For injury accident caused due to
Injury.
LPG burst.
Cornell injury.
Lordship, injury. Your Lordship, kindly have a glance to the page 8, the medical report, Your Lordship. Hormone burn 30% involving face and neck, chest, and both upper limbs. Your Lordship. And there is a
So you approach the insurance.
yes, Your
company.
Lordship. In
What did they say?
they have sitting over the matter, have not
When was the it was the
24/6/2019, Your Lordship, and the
19 accident.
yes, Your Lordship.
You approach
No,
to the
No, Your Lordship,
ICC.
on
ICC
2018,
Lombard.
2018 accident.
You approach to which authority?
I have approached the manager OP number 1, 2, and 3.
अरे भाई ओपी नंबर कोहनी में कोई केतर कोई भी ओपी नंबर
General manager.
कोई वो किए
General manager ICICI
जनरल मैनेजर
Insurance,
आईसीआईसी
ICICI.
कौन आपना क्लेम फॉर्म रे भरी की देथिले
No, Your Lordship.
I am asking, have you filled up the claim form?
No, Your Lordship.
केमती हेबो कल
My
application
claim has to be forwarded by the Bajrang Bharat Gas, Your Lordship, because I am
बजरंग भारत गैस
I am the customer of Bajrang Bharat Gas.
तो देथिले की
Yes, Your Lordship.
कोडी
Kindly have a
देखनी
glance to the page 14, Annexer 3.
कोडी
Annexer 3, page 14. The manager MS Sri Bharat Bajrang Gas. Daspala.
this has not been forwarded.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You have given all the medical papers.
Yes, Your Lordship. Postal receipt in page 15.
Hmm.
That is also on
Okay,
26.
issue notice. The under counsel the petitioner submit that the petitioner has suffered injury due to the leakage of LPG gas. The percentage of injury is around 30%,
Yes, Your Lordship.
around
Thermal
30%.
body injury.
And she has also attached the certificate by the fire department regarding the fact of the bursting of the LPG cylinder. And he has also submitted all the documents before the Bajrang Bharat,
Yes, Your Lordship. OP number 3. That is.
OP number 3, seeking compensation due to the compensation due to the accident caused by LPG cylinder. However, his case has not been processed, though he has submitted all the documents since 2000,
2019, Your Lordship.
date
24/6/2019.
24/6/2019. Okay. He has been waiting for such a long time to get his file processed, get his application processed by the department, by the said authority. However, no action has been taken against, no action has been taken in order to grant the compensation package which the petitioner is entitled to. Issue notice to OP number 123, 123
Yes, Your Lordship.
by registered post. Request may be filed within 3 days. List the matter on January 5th.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Next.
Item 4,
May I please, your lordships?
Oh.
This is a grave issue of ostracism, my lord.
Mhm.
Ostracism,
Ostracism.
my lord.
Why? What happened?
The the village mob came and destroyed the house of the petitioners. And
What
the-
is the case?
The case is that, my lord, initially, the minor daughter of the petitioner, her photographs was taken by the neighbor,
But
and
how this matter is coming?
I also prayed for compensation, my lord. I have also prayed for compensation,
Compensation.
my lord. You lords may kindly see the
So what
photographs.
happened? Tell me the
My
story.
lord, the story behind the screen is that
Hmm.
the neighbor of the petitioner
Hmm.
videographed the nude photographs of the minor daughter of the petitioner
Hmm.
and viral it in through his WhatsApp messages. The father of the girl reported the matter to the police station.
Hmm.
So due to influence of the political people in power,
Hmm.
the father of the petitioner was compelled to go for a compromise via annexure 2, my lord, in the police station itself,
Hmm.
which is on divorce the law, my lord.
Hmm.
Thereafter, my lord,
Which district?
Nayagarh, my lord,
Nayagarh.
Nayagarh.
Which police station?
the Sadar police station, my lord. And thereafter, they called a meeting in the village
Hmm.
and threatened the petitioner why he reported before the police.
Hmm.
For that reason, he was asked to pay 50,000, to which he denied, my lord. Thereafter, a mob came and demolished the small house ice cream unit that he was earning through his livelihood. The photographs, your lords may kindly see page number 24 for a moment. When I reported the matter to the police for protection, that was not yielded. And the attempt of the petitioner went abortive. And in presence of the police, my lord,
To take instruction, Mr. Lord, gone to the state to take instruction regarding the violence meted out to the present petitioner on the aftermath of, in the aftermath of a wiring incident. Where I see BYOR, wiring incident committed at the behest of the who?
in presence of the police, my lord, in behest of the
K Kala.
village people, my lord, a large number of village
K
people.
right? You photo never ki करते. Who had taken photo?
The one of the son of the petitioners.
क्या बोलते हो यार?
I'm sorry, my lord, I could not follow you.
How the one of the son of the petitioner? say लोकर तार तार गुटे पुओ गला ता.
No, no, the photograph was the neighbor. The
Say
one,
the पचारो जो one of the son of the petitioner.
my lord, that's
So one of the neighbor. The inaction.
even
of the
Pitabas
police-
Behera.
Inaction of the police is writ large. And the in the present case, it is also Lord Constitutional Commission also submitted that with the connivance of the police and the wrongdoers, things have turned into a forced ostracism against the present petition. Which cannot be tolerated by any civilized society. Considering all the facts and circumstances narrated herein above, comma. Lord grants for the state to take instruction. List the matter on 18. 18 reaction. To take instruction, if necessary, the SP will be called here. Tell him. If they don't take any action, SP will be called here.
They have only filed that FIR. I'll take instruction. They
This
have
is
only
something
filed
wrong.
FIR in the month of November.
Maybe,
My lord,
maybe.
FIR has been registered.
So who FIR registered ହେଲେ କଣ ହେଲା police କିଛି କାମ କରିବନି FIR
My lord, I'll
registered
take
କଣ
instruction
ହବ?
to that. I'll take
Ah.
instruction.
Police has to act. Police
My
is
lord.
there to help people,
In-
not to
in these
connive with
cases- in these
wrongdoers and punish other people.
In this type of cases, police has to be expedite the.
Unfortunately, police is not doing that. Police is
I'll take
conniving with the political people and they are doing all these things.
I'll take instruction.
If the police, I find something dereliction of duty of the police in this case. The police has to lose its job straight away, I'm telling.
My lord.
Next,
Item 5.
5.
Deeply obliged, your lordships.
May I please, your lords?
But here I have deposited my property documents for creating equitable mortgage. Even if the loan was settled, the documents were not returned by the bank.
With which bank?
State Bank of India.
State Bank of India. The transaction the petitioner submits that he had created an equitable mortgage over its immovable property by depositing the title documents in respect of the said immovable properties. Despite the loan account is closed and settled, the petitioner, the opposite party bank has not yet released the property document. Hello? Considering the above facts, let notice be issued to the state, the opposite party number 1 bank,
My lord.
State Bank of India.
My lord,
So, Lopi.
PV Balakrishnan sir was the counsel in DRT. My lord,
But here he is not there. Na? Here somebody, the bank might engage somebody else. You don't
Right.
know. So better to you just stand by registered post.
No.
File the requisite within 3 days. Huh? Place the matter on 21st.
other
Next. Connectivity say सब same.
my lord.
Next.
Item 6.
May it please, your lordship.
6.
May it please. The petitioner availed a CC cash credit loan from Indian Bank. My lord. The term was
Why Bharat Electronics is there? But this is a partnership firm.
partnership.
So what happened?
It availed a cash credit loan from Indian Bank. My lord.
Hmm.
The tenure was for 12 months
Hmm.
and the limit was up to 3 crores. My lord.
Hmm.
Before completion of tenure, I approached the bank, it may be enhanced to 5 crores.
Hmm.
Bank kept it pending till conclusion of the tenure. And before that, when bank did not allow me, I put a letter to the bank that as you have kept it pending, I no more require it because I have already approached Axis Bank and they are ready to give me. And in between, that tenure was over. Thereafter, Axis Bank took over that loan liability from Bank of India, Indian Bank. Thereafter, Miller, bank has issued me a notice to recover 2 plus 1%, 2% plus 1% penalty
Foreclosure charge.
For
Is it-
takeover charge,
Takeover charge.
which is against that agreement. If it is,
But takeover clause must be there.
it is there.
That is 2% is there for to takeover.
Takeover,
2%.
matter, takeover.
So how much they charging? They are charging for 2%.
2% for takeover and 1% for non-submission of document. Because all the documents are with them. Now they are not releasing my original title deeds. ମୁଁ ସେଠି ଦେଇପାରୁନି ସେଠି 1% penal interest ନଉଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଏଠି ମଧ୍ୟ 3% ନଉଛନ୍ତି.
Okay. Where is Mr. Tuna Sahu? Call Mr. Tuna Sahu at 2 p.m.
Right.
And I will see them. Huh? He must be around.
Right.
A court for निश्चय आसे तो निश्चय matter गुड़े दिन थी वाली.
Right.
प्रतिदिन था.
Right.
So just find out him if he is there at 2 p.m. Rasan.
Right.
I'll issue notice. Okay. Next.
Item 7.
7.
May I please? Here, your lordship kindly take page 38, though I am challenging annexure 1.
What is the
Because-
issue?
Issue, my lord, regarding that notification of the election has been notified by the railway authority.
ये रेलवे
Which is-
इलेक्शन में मैंने I'll go mad. केवी खत्म होनी अब रेलवे वाले काम करନ୍ତି नी खाली एमती इलेक्शन लड़ थांती
नहीं, नहीं, तांकर
रेलवे वाले काम केते कले ताले सबବେଳେ तो इलेक्शन लड़ी कोर्ट कचेरी दौड़िला इलेक्शन केते कले
এটা ওয়েলফেয়ার সোসাইটিটা সে
ওয়েলফেয়ার না ওয়েলফেয়ার जो लोक के तांको वेलफेयर काहार
within the scheduled tribe se particular community railway employees association
परिषद ना रे पारिषदर फायदा आओ वेलफेयर
page 38 টা দেখুন
पेज 38
yes
ये कौन अछि 38 रे
this defines works of executive committee. This relates to my case.
এটা আপন you are from Union of India you want to file a reply he file let him file the reply
My lord, they have posted fixed the date of election to 11th. That is also in contravention to the bylaw. Because the bylaw says there must be.
Election what के till the matter is
My,
okay. Let there be the stay of election.
my.
Similar matter is also adjourned to the 11th.
Yes,
No.
that in respect of zonal.
এটা কাপ
This is a workshop.
And moreover, they are earlier filed the writ petition.
No, I
अब
have
रेलवे
stated.
को बंद ट्राइब्यूनल टे बने दोनी यहाँ पे रेलवे ट्राइब्यूनल एक्सीडेंट रेलवे ट्राइब्यूनल फॉर इलेक्शन वाला खत्म अब इतने काई को हाई कोर्ट राजी बेगुड़ा जाऊँ चली
My lord, ଏଠି ହେଇଛି କଣ earlier ଗୋଟେ notification election notification 2022 ରେ ହେଲା ସେ notification ଟାକୁ present petitioner being the outgoing secretary and hence he was not issued that notification, he challenged before this honorable court. And this honorable court had order dated 23/9/2022 directed me by quashing that notification, directed me to conduct the election. I conducted the election. After the election was over, I communicated the same for circulation by the railway department. Unless railway department circulates it, it will not be come into force. So that circulation has not been done.
File issue notice to the opposite party
Page 64, my lord.
अरे वहाँ तो आपने notice नहीं आंतु चुपचाप जानतु कहीं आते page 64 को चली issue notice to opposite party number के क्या चली एक कैसे reply file करी बे ये वाला ऐसे थोड़े के ये रेलवे सेक्रेटरी गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ रेलवे सेक्रेटरी को थाई की केबे
Ministry of railway.
रेलवे को रेलवे सेक्रेटरी थाई
ना ministry of railway.
रेलवे जहाँ डिसाइड करे रेलवे बोर्ड
Board.
रेलवे सेक्रेटरी को डाला अपने रेलवे
सही तो यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया
यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया का
Railway.
यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया नो रेलवे इंडियन रेलवे पूरा लिखिबे इंडियन ऑफ इंडिया हबन
टू अच्छे डायरेक्टर रेलवे बोर्ड
डायरेक्टर एस्टैब्लिशमेंट रेलवे बोर्ड ओके 2 3 4 5 6 5 6 थ्रू रजिस्टर्ड पोस्ट बाकी 1 2 4 2 3 4 आपण नहीं जानतो मिस्टर नायक वेव्स ऑफ नोटिस फॉर 2 3 4 2 3 4
yes
हला रेस्ट बाय रजिस्टर्ड पोस्ट रेडी इन द मीन टाइम आईए कोड लिखले आईटा काई आई फाइल लांते
19203
काई
I এটা list में.
आई 9 लिस्ट
ऐसा कौन डिफेक्ट्स देखे जी
डिफेक्ट वाला आपण केबे करथिले आईटा आज
ऑफ कोर्स ऑन द नेक्स्ट डेट ऑफ फाइलिंग ऑफ रिट पिटिशन बिकॉज़ रिट पिटिशन संगर मु फाइल करनो थली बट नंबर आई डू हैव द माय नंबर एंड ऑफिस कॉपी योर लॉट्स मेसेज माय ऑफिस को
गिव मी दैट इट लगे दे फाइल केस फाइल इट आई नंबर सो एंड सो इन द मीन टाइम देयर शैल बी नोटिफिकेशन 1 टा कोन छडा
annexure 1 notification
कोन छडा
एरा जे इलेक्शन नोटिफाई करछन पूरा 11 तारीख को
the annexure 1 the
At that time,
notification
he is no more employee of that.
किछि लेखन दिने आपण notification dated so and so issued by so and so bide annexure number so and so is may be kept in एंत लिखिया कथा लिख दे कोन notification under annexure 1 ना notification कोन की इशू कला को डेट रे किछि लिखि
At the time of election, you are no more in the employee. That page 64.
let's see we'll see that for the timing let's see, okay let the election notice issued by the issued by the
OP number 4 my
OP
lord
number 4
he is workshop personal officer
be kept in abeyance till the next date that is 18 rasu Allah let the copy of the IDs kept from the account next
Item number 8. It kindly passable.
8
Passable.
password
Item number 9.
9
legal proceed. Where the opposite party violated the honorable course of our rated 55,023.
sorry
Where the opposite party violated the errors order.
what is the order highlighted sir
Where annexure 1 page 6 to 9 man.
Your lordship, kindly see page 9. The operative portion of the para 6. କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଫାର୍ମ ଟାକୁ ଉଠେଇବା ପାଇଁ କି କରିଥିଲେ
नहीं सेमते होच परिवेश तो दूषित
ମାନେ
होचे
So why no action has been taken?
I'll take instruction. I'll take instruction.
Lord Constable, the state to take instruction as to why no action has been taken by the authority despite the order passed by this court on 15/5/2023. List the matter on 18. 8. 8 9.
Item 10.
10. 10. 10.
Item 10.
Please, no. Sir, one IA case has been filed.
ଆପଣ ମାଇକ୍ ପାଖକୁ ଟିକେ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ମାଇକ୍ ଟା ଟିକେ ଆପଣ ହଁ ଏଇଟା କଣ ଏଇଟା
Compensation letter
compensation for what?
for not giving the services since 33 years. RSA has been dismissed recently. Sir,
Service? What service?
Sir, RSA 192/19 was dismissed in the month of November.
ସାର୍ କେସ୍ ଟା କଣ ଟିକେ କହନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ଓଡିଆରେ କହନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛି ଓଡିଆ ଆପଣ କହନ୍ତୁ ଓଡିଆ କେସ୍ ଟା କଣ
Sir, Honorable High Court order kale
ଅର୍ଡର କଣ ପାଇଁ କଲେ ମତେ ମୂଳରୁ ଟିକେ କହନ୍ତୁ ଅନରେବୁଲ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ କଣ କଲେ ପଛେ ଆଗ କଣ ହେଇଥିଲା କହନ୍ତୁ
ହଁ ସାର୍ ହଉଛି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ରିଟିନ୍ ଏକ୍ସାମିନେସନ ରେ କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଇ କରିସାରିଲା ପରେ
କୋଉ ରିଟିନ୍ ଏକ୍ସାମ କଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଇଥିଲା କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା କିଛି କହିବେନି
ହଁ ସାର୍
କୁହନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା
ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ମୋର କ୍ଲରିକାଲ ଏକ୍ସାମିନେସନ
ଆପଣ କିଏ ଆପଣ ନିଜେ
ମୁଁ ନିଜେ ସାର୍
ଆପଣ କ୍ଲରିକାଲ ଏକ୍ସାମିନେସନ କେବେ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
85
85 ରେ କେସ୍ ଏବେ ଆସୁନି
ଅଛି ସାର୍
କଣ ଅଛି ଏବେ କଣ
ହେଲା ପରେ 90
ଆପଣ କଣ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି
ହଁ ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ରେ ଅନରେବଲ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ମତେ କମ୍ପାନସେସନ ପାଇଁ ଅର୍ଡର କଲେ 15 ମସିହାରେ ଏବଂ ମୁଁ କମ୍ପାନସେସନ ସୁଟ୍ ଫାଇଲ କଲି ସୁଟ୍ ୱାଜ dismissed and thereafter I file appeal ମଧ୍ୟ dismiss ହେଇଗଲା ପରେ ମୁଁ RSA ଫାଇଲ କଲି
ଆଉ ମୂଳର ଷ୍ଟୋରି ଟା ଟିକେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ହଁ
କଣ
ମୂଳ ସାର୍
1983 ରେ ଆପଣ କ୍ଲରିକାଲ କଣ ଏକ୍ସାମ ଦେଲେ
କ୍ଲରିକାଲ ଏକ୍ସାମିନେସନ ଦେଇକି I was selected in the multiple category
ମଲ୍ଟିପଲ କ୍ୟାଟେଗୋରୀ ମାନେ
clerk cum typist and cashier
ଆପଣ କୋଉଟା ସିଲେକ୍ଟ ହେଲେ
ନା ହେଲି
କୋଉଥି ପାଇଁ ହେଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କୋଉ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ ହେଲେ
ମାନେ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ସାର୍ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ହେଇନାହିଁ ଭାଇବସ୍ ଲେଟର ଟା
ତ ଆପଣ ରିଟିନ୍ କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଇ କଲେ ଆଉ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ହେଲି କେମିତି ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ଫାଇନାଲି ଯେ ହୁଏ ସେଟା ସିଲେକ୍ସନ କୁହାଯାଏ ରିଟିନ୍ ଆପଣ କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଇ କଲେ ତାପରେ ଟାଇପିଂ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଟାକୁ ଡାକିଥିବେ
ନା ସେ ଟାଇପ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଡକା ହେଲା ନାହିଁ କି ମୋତେ ଭାଇବସ୍ ଲେଟର ଡକା ହେଲା ନାହିଁ when my right was infringed
how your right was infringed
ମୋ ଭାଇବସ୍ କଲ୍ ଲେଟର I did not receive
then written qualify kale virus call deleni
I filed a suit before Munshi Bhadrak
kon suit file kale
suit file kali je mate service diya jau in alternatively mate virus examination kara jau
apon ete apon kon karanti kon
ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ପାସ୍ କରିଥିଲି ମୁଁ ଲ ପାସ୍ କରିଥିଲି
ତାପରେ କଣ କଲେ ଆପଣ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କେସ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ପୁରା 30 ବର୍ଷ ଖବେଇଲେ
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଚାଲିଥିଲା ଚାଲିଲା ପରେ
ଆପଣ କଣ କିଛି ତ କରୁଥିବେ ନା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସବସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟଲି କଣ କୋଉ ଚାକିରି ଫାକିରି ତ ଜଏନ୍ କରିଥିଲେ କଣ କଲେ ଖାଲି କେସ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ
ନା ମୁଁ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ ଟିକେ ଟିକେ କରୁଥାଏ ଲୋ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ କେସ୍ ଚାଲିଥିଲା
ଟିକେ ଟିକେ କରୁଥିଲେ ମାନେ
ଲୋ ଏଠି ଭଦ୍ରକରେ ସାର୍ କରୁଥିଲୁ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ କରୁଥିଲି ଆଉ ତାପରେ ନଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ଭଲ ମାନେ ଫ୍ଲୋରିସିଂ ହେଲା ନାହିଁ ତେଣୁ ବାଇଦି କେସ୍ ଟା ଚାଲିଥିଲା
ତାପରେ କେମିତି ହାଉ ଡୁ ରନ୍ ୟୁର ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଦେନ୍ ଏମିତି କୋର୍ଟ ଯିବା ଆସିବା କେସ୍ କରି କେସ୍ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଚଲାନ୍ତି ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି କେମିତି ଚଲାନ୍ତି
Sir, not flourishing practice, but I am doing practice, and by that, my message is service primary school teacher. That's why we are managing.
बढ़िया हो
Okay. Sir, more Burton, sir, Honorable High Court in 192 by.
Sir, कुणांदो तापरे कौन है कौन तो मोते पूरा स्टोरी दरकार पूरा तापरे कौन है आपण तापरे से माने डाकिलेनी गला सूट फाइल कले
I filed a case, I filed a suit. And the opposite defendant appeared in the suit and filed a written statement and thereafter they challenged the territorial jurisdiction of the court. Again, the court dismissed that petition and they came to Honorable High Court. High Court upheld that Bhadrak Court has jurisdiction to try the suit. And the suit was tried and ultimately the trial court give me appointment within 15 days, direction to give appointment within 15 days. But if there is vacancy, if there is no vacancy, the petitioner case will consider first. This was the 90 in the year 90. Sir, but there is vacancy, but they did not give me posted. So I filed.
This is for State Bank of India.
State Bank of India. I filed a execution case bearing number 10/90, who is still pending before before the lower court. CJ JD Basudepur is continuing. तापरे सारे
एना हिंदी चलथिबो आपण केते वर्ष हला बे
मो हैव नाउ 66
ना आपण 96 हला बे केस सरीबन
मो
सरीबन त
नै सल्ला वर्तमान सारे मोर होजी जे
आपण कोन चाहू चंती
मु सारे चाहूची वर्तमान मोर जो आरएस टा डिसमिस हे गेला सूट एज वेल एज द अपील डिसमिस कोले जे होजी रेस जुडिकाटा एंड ऑर्डर टू रूल Sir, Your Honor, when the execution case 10/90 is still pending before the same party and same cause of action, how the res judicata is applicable to this case?
Okay.
On this ground only, the Honorable Court did not had the substantial question of law in the second appeal. Did not listen. Even if he told in his judgment that the court which give me direction to file the suit appropriate forum and claim compensation due to forgery, that is not that is also which res judicata. That cannot be finding the last para lecture जे जो Honorable High Court जैचंत सेटा बोथ अंडर res judicata रे आसीछि आउ तेनु सारे मोर केस बर्तन पेंडिंग अछि annexure 1. The land Munshi CJ Reddy has sent a letter to Honorable High Court to know whether stay has been given. It was 33 years old as per the apex court order to dispose the case expeditiously. 33 years.
apex court भी जाइथिले
apex court order रे 33 years 25 वर्ष रो ऊर्ध्व केस को शीघ्र डिस्पोजल करा पई order आसला पर सेही लाइन वैकेट करके बगति के इंटीमेट कर एवं कले एवं हाई कोर्ट को चिट्ठी करचंती एनेक्सर 1 माय लॉर्ड एनेक्सर 1 होची
आनंद में हाई कोर्ट को चिट्ठी दे केते आछि
ना सर आसे
आपण केस ता कोन
हां मो केस एटा सर हला होची जे मु होची कोर्ट हाईएस्ट मार्क आई हैव
आपणकर जो तळ कोर्ट रे आपणकर डिसमिस हेगला
नहीं मु
आपण जे सूट कोन फाइल कर देला डिसमिस हला
नहीं सर सूट इन माय फेवर डायरेक्शन हला जे फाइंडिंग देले द प्लेंटिफ हैज सिक्योर्ड द हाईएस्ट मार्क इन द रिटन एग्जामिनेशन द रिक्रूटमेंट बोर्ड हु कंडक्टेड द एग्जामिनेशन इज नो मोर सब्सिक्वेंट रिक्रूटमेंट डिनाइड टू
बैंकिंग सर्विस रिक्रूटमेंट बोर्ड थिला सेटा बैंकिंग सर्विस रिक्रूटमेंट पळई करी 19 पळई करी आउर बैंकिंग सर्विस आउर अथॉरिटी वालानी
आई हैव appeared examination under RRB was abolished during the pendency of the suit.
RRB केमि थिला सर
RRB sir
RRB माने फुल फॉर्म कोन कहले
Regional Recruitment Board State Bank of India just
BSRB रे पूर्वटा
Banking Service Recruitment Board
BSRB पूर्वटा
yes
RRB थिला
RRB मु सर RRB देली during the pendency of the suit it was abolished
एने पर RRB रे मीनिंग अलगा ना रेलवे रिक्रूटमेंट बोर्ड भी RRB कोन RRB कहले बैंकिंग सर्विस रिक्रूटमेंट बोर्ड
Regional Recruitment Board sir BSRB came to power na function and court issued the notice. BSRB appeared in the suit and denied to conduct that. They replied the cause of action arose prior to our existence, so they became expert. Therefore court give the direction to give him employment within 15 days as he has secured the highest mark in the written examination in that Bolangiri zone. And moreover the mark call for they did not produce any single mark. In my examination of chief, I stated that I have secured the highest mark. They did not suggest me that your position is a 5th or a 6th or 7th. And in other way, they told me in order to get the good position, you applied the interior zone. In these circumstances, court order, thereafter, the defendant in the lower court applied in the appellate court. Appellate court confirmed the lower court order. And in his judgment he stated that specific mark for viabos they have not stated. Specific mark for selection of the bank they have never stated. My application was while the regional recruitment board was non-receipt of my viabos letter was reached during the presence of a recruitment board, not BSRB. But instead of this finding, which they did not conduct the examination and
How did you
thereafter-
how did you come to know that you have secured the highest mark? On what basis? They don't disclose. On what basis? At that time RTI was not there. How did you get that you have secured the highest mark?
Sir, I have gone to
Why? How?
in-
They never disclose the
no,
marks.
sir.
Till final
I'm telling.
selection is over, they never disclose. At that time RTI was not there. How did you get it?
During while the RRB was established, the mark sheet was placed in the wall, and the regional the secretary regional recruitment board told Mr. Mohanty, you have secured very good number of
ସେ
marks.
କିଏ ଗୋଟେ କହିଦେଲା ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲେ? ସେ ଗୋଟେ କହି ଗପ ମାରିଦେଲା ଆପଣ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିଗଲେ?
ମୁଁ ସାର୍ କଲ୍ ଫର କଲି ମାର୍କ ସିଟ୍ ମୋର ମାର୍କ
କେମିତି କଲ୍ ଫର କଲେ?
ମାର୍କ ଫେସ୍ କଲି ଯେ ମୋର
କୋଉଠୁ କଲ୍ ଫର କଲେ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କୋଉଠୁ କଲ୍ ଫର କଲେ?
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କିଂ ସର୍ଭିସ ରିକ୍ରୁଟମେଣ୍ଟ ବୋର୍ଡ କୁ କେସ୍ କୋର୍ଟ କଲ୍
ସେମିତି ଦିଅନ୍ତିନି ତ।
କୋର୍ଟ କଲ୍ ଫର କଲେ
କୋର୍ଟ ମାଗିଲେ।
କୋର୍ଟ ମାଗିଲେ ଟୁ ପ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ କୋର୍ଟ ମାଗିଲେ ପ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ କରିବା ପାଇଁ, କିନ୍ତୁ on the other hand they did not produce the mark sheet, and they admitted that petitioner, the plaintiff has done very well, and the
very well ମାନେ
and the candidate of
ଆପଣ ହାଇ ସ୍କୋରର, ଆପଣ ହାଇ ସ୍କୋରର ଥିଲେ।
yes sir
କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲେ? କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ହାଇ ସ୍କୋର? ମତେ କାଗଜଟା ଟିକେ ଦେଖେଇଲେ ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲରେ।
sir
ଆପଣ ସ୍କୋର ହାଇ
sir ଅଛି court order sir, court has given
କୋଉଠି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ।
annexure
आप पूरा लगे हुए हैं पूरा।
My lord, kindly see the annexure 2. Annexure 2, page 3, serial number 3, page 29.
कौन लगाई जी? So you want compensation?
Sir,
आपण compensation पे आसेन?
sir, when they did not give me service while I was service age, when my service was already passed, I filed before Honorable High Court that due to forged document, they have not
forged document माने किए देथिला forged document?
जो सिलेक्शन लिस्ट आज्ञा दाखल कले एपिलेट कोर्ट रे ट्रायल कोर्ट रे देखले से एपिलेट कोर्ट रे गोटे पिला सारे चाकरी पाइछि किंतु रिटन ले सिलेक्ट हे नाही वे डॉक्यूमेंट एंड द कैंडिडेट हु सिक्योर्ड द हाईएस्ट मार्क ताको 5th रे देखा हेछि एई भली फर्जरी डॉक्यूमेंट को मु प्रोड्यूस कली बिफोर द ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट। ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट देखि के मते डायरेक्शन देले you claim the which forgery detect kariya, this is not the court for detect the forgery, you claim your compensation before appropriate forum. Mu CJSD court re 1915 le I filed the suit, and the then CJSD presiding officer has stated in his judgment that for justification of the annexure, it proves the plaintiff's case of forgery as per the High Court direction, and they dismiss the Order 7 Rule 11 petition against
State Bank of India का person come, let's see that.
Sir, against
रोहन State Bank of India को डाका टिके तांका साइड रो आसले ना गुटे साइड सुनिबे केन देबो देखो
sir mo just I am telling order 7 Rule 11 रे dismiss कला पर
सर रोहन तो ना Order 7 Rule 11 रखन दो
आगे
स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया को अपोजिट पार्टी को नोटिस करबी नि बिना नोटिस के देबो
ना करियो सर
फिर आओ एतो Order 7 Rule 7 को लगो the petitioner had appeared in the selection of clerical examination. Appeared the clerical examination in the year 1984, conducted by opposite party.
1983.
84 लिखी चंदी आपण निजे.
आगे हाँ
83 कर दे 83. Conducted by the Regional Recruitment Board, State Bank of India. he claims that he has secured the highest mark in the multiple category and qualified in the written test. He waited for a long time for receiving the intimation for biowas test, but failed to receive any intimation from the recruitment board. So he further submits that he has sent a notice to the opposite party number 3, ventilating its grievance, but the opposite party number 3 turned deaf ear to his grievance.
Sir, defendant 4. Defendant number 3 sir hochi regional recruitment board thla banking regional recruitment tar defendant 4 hela BSRB.
Okay.
BSRB denied to conduct the VAS examination
yes.
and appear in the
Defendant, opposite party number 4 likhe. Hala. In this process, he has been engaging himself for about how many years?
No sir 84 re
83 ରୁ କେତେ କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ଆଜି?
33 years.
33 କେମିତି ହେଲା sir?
Um,
ଆଜି ଏବେ କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା? ଆଜି date ରେ କେତେ ହେଲା? 40 years you have spent.
sir.
Don't say. He has been engaging himself fruitfully for 44 years. Yes, sir, 40 years. Engaging himself fruitfully in the litigation for 44 years to secure job/compensation. Full stop. Considering his plight for the last 40 years and his grievance, which went unaddressed for such a long time, he is constrained to approach this court. He was constrained to approach this court. High Court?
High Court sir 5 times. sir.
My God. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଦ ଧଳି ନେବା କଥା ସାର୍
ସବୁ sir document before your honor.
litigation ମାନେ ଆପଣ ପୂଜା କରିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫଟୋଟେ ଦେଇଦେବେ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ଲଗେଇବା ଏଠି ବିଲକୁଲ ଆପଣ ଭଳିଆ
Sir,
ଲୋକ ବହୁତ
ମୁଁ
କମ
ଦିଟା
ସଂସାରରେ
conduct
କମ
କଲି
ଥିବେ
and my advocate dishonestly not
ସେ କଣ
proper
ନା-
the case conduct.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
One
ଆପଣ
night
ଫଟୋଟେ ଗଲାବେଳେ ଦେଖି ମଧୁବାବୁ ସାଇଡରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫଟୋ ଲଗେଇଦବ ଦେଖିଲ 40 years consent to approach this court for about 5 times and this is for the 6th time. 6th time? It's 6 number. 6th time he has approached to this court. So considering his grievance and his to and fro journey to the court, let notice be issued to the State Bank of India. Party opposite party kaha korchanti?
Sir, opposite party State Bank of India.
State Bank of India.
State Bank of India sir, and others.
Others ମାନେ କିଏ? ଏବେ ତ ସବୁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ନା RRB ରହିଲା ନା BSRB ରହିଲା ଏବେ ତ ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ରିକ୍ରୁଟମେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରମୋସନ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ରହିଲା
General Manager Planning.
ସାର୍ ସେ ପ୍ଲାନିଂ ବାଲା କଣଟା କରିବ?
Both
See-
are local and the Central Recruitment Promotion.
ଯାଅ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ
India Corporate
1 2
Office.
3 4 ଲେଖିଦେବ 1 2 3 4 ଲେଖିଦିଅ ଯା ଯା
Sir, ମୋ salary structure ମତେ head office ରୁ grant ହେଲା
ହଉ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ବମ୍ବେରୁ
ହଉ
ତା ଦେଲା ପରେ ମତେ
ହଁ।
ହଉଛି sir ଯୋଉ ରେଜୁଡି କାଟାରେ କେସ୍
ଓ
dismiss
ବାବା।
କରିଛନ୍ତି honorable court.
ଆପଣ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ କାହିଁ କଲେନି ଭଲ କି ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ କଲେନି ବଢିଆ ଚାଲିଥାନ୍ତେ ଏଠି ପଳେଇଥାନ୍ତେ ମୋ କୋଟ ଖାଲି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କିଂ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଅଛି ଆଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ମାଲାମାଲ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କିଂ ବଢିଆ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ ଚାଲିଥାନ୍ତା କାହିଁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲେ ଏବେ ବି ଆସିପାରିବେ ଡେରି ହେଇନି ଆପଣ ବଢିଆ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ
Suffering from ailments.
Huh?
For diabetes ବାହାରୁଛି sir.
ସଫରିଂ ଫ୍ରମ୍
Different ailments.
ଆପଣ ଏମିତିଆ କେସ୍ କଲେ ଏଲିମେଣ୍ଟ ହବ ଆଉ 40 ବର୍ଷ କେସ୍ କଲେ ଏଲିମେଣ୍ଟ ହବ କଣ ଗୋଟେ litigate element ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆଟା ଆଇଲାଣି ସେଟା litigate ତା tablet ବି ମିଳୁଛି
expressing sir I belong to Vasudevpur 35 kilometers from Bhadrak when the court are separated there my
ବାସୁଦେବପୁର କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିଗଲି
that I could not go to
ବାସୁଦେବପୁର କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିଗଲି ଦୁଇଟା ଚିଫ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର ସେଠୁ ବାହାରିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କିନ୍ତୁ
contact କରିଥିଲି
ଆପଣ ଥାର୍ଡ ଲିଟିଗେଟର ବାହାରିଲେ ମଧୁବାବୁ ସାଇଡ ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫଟୋ ସେଠୁ ଦୁଇଟା ଚିଫ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର ବାହାରିଛନ୍ତି
sir ମୁଁ ପଢୁଛି sir ଫାଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି କୋର୍ଟ ମେ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଟିକେ ପଢିବି
ଫାଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି
ହାଇଏଷ୍ଟ ମାର୍କ
ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ହାଇଏଷ୍ଟ ମାର୍କ ରଖିଥାନ୍ତୁ
ରଖିଥିଲି
ହଉ ମିଷ୍ଟର କର ନାହାନ୍ତି ଗୁରୁଦାସ କର କୁଆଡେ ଗଲେ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ କିଏ ନାହାନ୍ତି ହଉ
ଗୁରୁଦତ୍ତ କର
ହଁ ଜାଣିଛି ସେ ନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଧେ ଏନିୱେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଅନ୍ ଜାନୁଆରୀ ନୂଆ ବର୍ଷରେ ଦେଖା ହେବା ଆଉ ହେଲା ମୁଁ ଡେଟ୍ ଟେ ଦଉଛି 17th ଜାନୁଆରୀ ହେଲା 17th ରେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ର ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ଆସିଲା ଦେଖିବା ସେମାନେ କଣ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରୁ ଲେଖିଦେବ ନୋଟିସ ବି ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଥ୍ରୁ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର୍ଡ ପୋଷ୍ଟ requisites will be filed within 3 days from today requisite आज फाइल कर दियंतु आज के कर दियंतु
sir ମୁଁ କରିଦେବି
आज काली जगह कर requisite फाइल कले नोटिस जीवन आले पड़िथिबो आपण नेक्स्ट डेट रे पण एड जानि जो
ନାଇଁ sir
नेक्स्ट
Item 11.
11
I am through VC, my lord. May I please, my lord?
11
My lord, I am representing the petitioner, my lord. My lord, your lordship may look at your lordship's order, last about one order. Since the local authority was not made party, your lordship directed me to file an application that was allowed. Now I have filed also consolidated cost title. Loan was availed. It is,
notice not issued
notice was when your lordship
that
passed order.
notice go sir notice na gale केमती हो
Sir,
Lord Counsel the petitioner has filed the consolidated cost title accordingly let notice be issued to the opposite party by registered post requirements may be filed within 3 days 3 days required file karantu January asu
sir,
10th January
sir.
next
Item 12.
May I please your lordship? Law, insurance amount of 30,000 rupees under the Aam Aadmi Yojana in respect of the late
Aam Aadmi
husband
Yojana.
of the wife petitioner is
आम
not.
आदमी योजना
Yes, ma'am. 30,000 टा insurance amount दवा कथा दो ना.
आपण केते टका दिन को ई मास को दियंतु फिरे
ना सेटा zero premium scheme टा. फिर 2,000 टका premium 50% state government 50% central government.
पूरा ऊपर मिल गेला आपण 30,000
हाँ से तांगा scheme टा से असर.
सेकंड डेथ रे होय ना
Death हेले natural death हेले 30,000.
आउ
अन्य death हेले 75,000. Accidental हेले.
एक्सीडेंट
Accident 75. एटा normal death.
okay so the husband of the petitioner died
Husband died.
2016 रे
16
ସେ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କଲେ 2022 ରେ
आपण केबे अप्लाई करले
सर 22 रे
केते गर्व रे
सर
कहउछ
किछि नाही लिमिटेशन एथरे
6 वर्ष पर आपण मन पड़ले
सर स्कीम रे किछि नाही सर
कि बरे टाइम फ्रेम अछि कि
नाही नाही टाइम फ्रेम हेनी तापर स्कीम ता जानला पने में अप्लाई करू
पुअर पीपल पे टाइम फ्रेम रखले ठीक दू
किछि सर नाही ताको सेमान ताको
रुआ दुआ आपण फेवर करला को जे सरकार को जे आपण फेवर in this scheme na poor people literate villagers rustic people they should have some the time limit should not be a bar in my view
यस
कि केतरा जब
Reasonable
जागा
time.
हो तब सवेरा है
मतलब it should have
आज
been
जागे आज सवेरा 10 साल बाद
That's right.
बाद जागे
That's
तब सवेरा
but it should have been filed within a reasonable time.
what is that reasonable time
Reasonable time.
आपण को जदी सेतरे नाही कि टाइम फ्रेम तो आज कल कोन असुविधा
No, that's true.
आपण फल के देखि टाइम फ्रेम कि नाही
नाही सर
पक्का
सर स्कीम ता अछि सर फाइल करछि
आपण कोहंदो
नाही सर नाही सर आई हैव वेरीफाइड सर
हां
आई हैव वेरीफाइड
वेरीफाइड
यस
पक्का
Yes, sir.
आपण को एटा तो मैन या द एक्सपर्ट इन दिस so okay issue notice not got to the state to take instruction के पार्टी का को पंचती
सर 1 2 3 स्टेट सेक्रेटरी पंचायत डिपार्टमेंट डायरेक्टर ओडिशा लाइवलीहुड मिशन वीडियो एलआईसी
कोडी अप्लाई करिया कथा
एटा सर
LIC
टू फॉरवर्ड करिया कथा डायरेक्टर ओडिशा लाइवलीहुड मिशन verify
ସେ
କରି
କରିବା
forward
କଥା
କରିବ LIC କି
ସେ 4 କୁ କରିବେ
LIC payment କରିବ
Your lordship may issue notice to 2, 3 and 4.
all I'm issuing notice one ଛାଡି ଦିଅ one କାଇଁ secretary କଣ
yes or no
2 3 4 ହେଲା 2 3 4 by registered post required to be filed within 3 days conclude 3 दिन ଭିତରେ କରନ୍ତୁ
On behalf of 2, 3, on behalf of 2 and 3, I'll accept.
learn concept of the Mr. Misra waves of notice on behalf of 2
And 3.
3 4 ଟା registered post ରେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ କିଏ ଅଛି
ଗୁରୁଦତ୍ତ କର
ଗୁରୁଦତ୍ତ LIC କରିବି
yes
କାଇଁ ନାହିଁ ନା ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ତାଙ୍କର panel of lawyers ଅଛି।
registered
panel
post
lawyer
ପଠେଇ
ତ
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ନା-
ଯେ ଯାହାକୁ ଦେବେ ଦେବେ କଣ registered post କରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା next list the matter on January again January 15 11 11 January 11
Okay.
next
13
13 13 भी ଆପଣଙ୍କର
Lordship, senior counsel grandfather expire के जो भी last week.
ये 13 ଆପଣଙ୍କର ନାହିଁ କି ମିଷ୍ଟର ବେହେରା ମିଷ୍ଟର ବେହେରା 13 ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଅଛି ପରା
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ବିଜୟ କୁମାର ନାୟକ
ଓ ସରି
ବିଜୟ
ସରି
କୁମାର ବେହେରା।
ବେହେରା ଲେଖେ ସରି ସମାନ ନାଁ ସରନେମ୍ ବଦଳି ଯାଇଛି
Lordship,
ସରି ଆଉ କଣ ହେଲା
sir, senior counsel grandfather experience last.
ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ
Weekend
ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିବେ ବୋଲି
Nice.
ନାଇଁ କି ଆଗରୁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ କହିଥିଲି
Nice,
ଆପଣ-
sir, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ case sir.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍
ହଁ ମାଇଲା
ଏଇଟା କି କେସ୍
ଏଇଟା ସାର୍ ସରନେମ୍ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇକି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ରହିଯାଇଛି ପଇସାଟା
ସରନେମ୍ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ପାଇଁ
ମାଇଲା
ଆପଣ ସରନେମ୍ ମାନେ କଣ ବାହା ହେଇଗଲା ପରେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଗଲା
ନା ମୋ ମାଙ୍କର ଯିଏ ପିଟିସନର ମେଘନାଥ ରେଡ୍ଡି ତାଙ୍କ ମାଙ୍କର ବିଫୋର ମ୍ୟାରେଜ କେ ଲାଗିଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କ ବାପାଙ୍କ ନାଁର ଇଏରେ ସରନେମ୍ରେ ଆଫ୍ଟର ମ୍ୟାରେଜ ସେଇଟା ବି ଲାଗିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଫାଦରଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ
କିଏ
ଯାଇଛି
ଥିଲା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ କିଏ ଥିଲା ପରେ ବି ହେଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ ଲାଗିଲା
ମାଇଲା।
ଅବଭିୟସଲି ଲାଗିବ
ନାଇଁ
ଗୋଟେ
ସାର୍,
ଫର୍ମାଟ
ସେଇଟା-
ଅଛି ଫର୍ମାଟରେ ସେ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଫର୍ମାଟ ଅଛି ସେ ଫର୍ମାଟରେ ଆପଣ ଫିଲ୍ଅପ୍ କରି ଦେବାକୁ ପଡେ ଯଦି ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଥିବେ ଗୋଟେ ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡିବ ପେପରରେ ବାହାର କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ତାପରେ ସେମାନେ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତି ବୁଝିଲେ ଫର୍ମାଟ ଅଛି ସେମିତି ଆଉ ଏମିତି ହେଇଯାନି କିଏ ଏଟା ବି କରିଦେଲେ ହେଇଯିବନି
ମାଇଲା
ହେଲା
ମାଇଲା
ସୋ ଏନିୱେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଜାନୁଆରୀ ଆସ ଜାନୁଆରୀ 17
ମାଇଲା
17 ହେଲା
14
14
14 it is
My lord, it is a
My lord, with
matter of
regard-
ex gratia compensation.
with regard to funny
Funny
compensation.
compensation, my lords.
I'll
Funny.
take,
Yes,
I'll take
lord.
instruction.
ଦେଖ instruction ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଏଥିରେ କିଛି ହେଇନି ଆମର
ଦିଟା ଡେଟ୍ ଆଜ୍ଞା କରୁଥିଲେ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ପାଇଁ ତ ଥିଲା ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ଅକେଜନରେ
ଆସିନି ସେଟା ମୁଁ ଦେଖୁଛି
I'll kindly fix a short date, my lords.
ସଡନ୍ ଯାହା ଦେବି ଜାନୁଆରୀ ଆଉ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଡିସେମ୍ବର ନାହିଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଜାଣିଲି।
ଡିସେମ୍ବର କ୍ଲୋଜ ନା ଓନ୍ଲି ଜାନୁଆରୀ ଏଟା ନୂଆ ଆସିବନି 24 ଡିସେମ୍ବର ଏଇ ଜାନୁଆରୀ ସରି ଜାନୁଆରୀ
ଆଜ୍ଞା obliged.
ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 15.
15
20B2C NDPS Act, my lord.
କେତେ
My lord,
Quantity.
quantity is, my lord, 1000. My lord,
କମ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି
କାଉଡିଆ
Kaudia.
କାଉଡିଆ
Your lordship granted, my
ହଁ
lord.
ଜାଣିଛି କାଉଡିଆ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି ରେ ଶିବ ଭକ୍ତ ବୋଲିକିରି ବାକି ସବୁ ଗାଞ୍ଜା ଭକ୍ତ ବୋଲି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ସବୁ ଗାଞ୍ଜା ବଟଲ ସବୁ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଭାଙ୍ଗିକି ଗୋଟେ କାମ କର ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଭାରଟାକୁ ବ୍ୟାନ୍ କରିଦିଅ ଦେଖିବ ସବୁ ଗାଞ୍ଜା ହେଇଯିବ ସେ ଭାରରେ ସବୁ ଗାଞ୍ଜା ଯାଉଛି ପାଣି ନାଁଟା କିଛି ପାଣି ଫାଣି ନାହିଁ ସେ ଗାଞ୍ଜା ପେକ୍ ପେକ୍ କରି ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି
Custody, my lord, 20/1/2020. Your lordship
2020
granted.
2020 20 ସେମ୍ ଅର୍ଡର
ଖାଲି ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ ହଉଛି ଆଉଟସାଇଡ ଦ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍
କୋଉଠିକାର ହେଲା କୋଉଠିକାର
My lord, men of Chhattisgarh, my lord.
ଛତିଶଗଡ଼ ତାହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ କାମ 1 ଲାଖ ଟଙ୍କାର ଇଏ ଦେବେ 1 ଲାଖ ଆଉ ଲୋକାଲ ଟୁ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟିଜ ହେଲା 1 ଲାଖ ଲୋକାଲ ଟୁ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟିଜ ଆଜିକାଲି ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ୟାସନ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କାଉଡିଆ କାଉଡିଆ କରି ଛାଡ ଯେତେ ଗଞ୍ଜିଆ ମାନେ ସବୁ କାଉଡିଆ ଆଉ ଆଜିକାଲି ଲେଡି ମାନେ ବି ସେତେ ଜୁଟିଲେଣି ଲେଡି ମାନେ କମ ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ପିଉଛନ୍ତି ଭାବୁଛ ହଁ ପୁରା ଦବିକି ପିଉଛନ୍ତି ସବେ ଦୌଡ଼ିଲେ ଆଜି ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ପିଇଲା ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ଆଉ ଧରା ପଡିଲେ କୋର୍ଟ ବେଲ ଆଉ କଣ ଗାଁରେ ତ ଫସିଲେ ଗଲା ଆଉ କେତେଟା ଲେଡି ଧରା ପଡିଛନ୍ତି ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଡିଏସିପି କହିପାରିବ Next.
Item 16. Madam, the petitioner is a member of Janata Gramina Personal Accident Insurance Scheme.
Sorry?
He lost his eyes. So he has insured his life on the Janata Gramina Personal Accident Scheme.
Ki scheme?
There is Janata Gramina Personal Accident Insurance Claim under the Orient Insurance Company. He was in New India, United India Insurance.
Kete tanga?
5 lakhs, madam. He lost 5 lakhs for 10 years now.
Let him take
That
it.
is, and he lost his eyes, madam.
Take his section.
Madam,
এটা কি আছে party কি?
Insurance is a party.
Insurance
That is not a party.
Unit insurance is a party. General
Okay.
manager.
Lord Counsel for the petitioner filed the petition.
But here is matter on in the case of dismissal for non-prosecution in the year 10/9/2014, madam.
14 ପରେ আবার non processing ଏବେ ଆଇଲେ suddenly.
I have no knowledge, madam, because on 15/7/2014, madam, it was listed for first time listed.
ଆପଣ
Thereafter
କେବେ
issue-
ଇଏ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କ୍ଲେମ କେବେ କ୍ଲେମ କରିଥିଲେ? ଆପଣ କ୍ଲେମ କୋଉଠି କରିଥିଲେ?
Sir, 14 ରେ issue notice ହେଲା, sir. 14 ରେ।
ଆପଣ କ୍ଲେମ କେବେ କଲେ?
2003 ରେ। 4 ରେ, sir।
ହାଁ?
4 2004
2004
ଓଡିଶାରେ sir ଯେତେ memo ଦେଲେ list ହୁଏନି। ଯେତେ memo ଦେଲେ ହୁଏନି।
ଏଟା ତ 2023 ରେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି।
No, sir, it is 2023 first. I have filed a memo before your my lord, your lordship had me memo and direct for listing. When I saw that you are not listed, I have obtained taken consult with the court master.
2003 what are you doing sir?
Sir, ମୁଁ ସବୁଦିନ memo ଦେଲେ କେବେ list ହୁଏନି।
When did you file in the
Sir,
initially?
Accidentally, my lord, your lord.
I am asking when did you file it for the first time in this court?
2014 ରେ।
But the incident was in the year 2014, 2005.
Sir, regular
Four.
thing, sir.
Rohantu, the incident took place in 2004.
And
You came to the court in 2014.
Sir, I am submitting one.
Rohantu ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ. Incident took place in 2004. You came to the court such a early in 2014.
No, sir, prior to that, 14 was listed. I have filing memo regularly, ma'am.
File କେବେ କଲେ ହାଇ କୋର୍ଟ ରେ 14 ନା?
ହଁ, 14.
then 10 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଆଇଲେ
14 immediately fail କରି
କେବେ କଲେ?
2004 ରେ fail କରି sir.
Repetition number କେତେ ଥିଲା କି?
4025
2004 ରେ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ ତାପରେ 14 ରେ
sir,
dismiss ହେଇଗଲା।
accident ରେ ପଳେଇଲା 1500 ଦେଇଯିବ first time list ହେଲା। 4 ରୁ 14 ରେ first issue notice ହେଲା। issue ତାପରେ company appear now. On 10/9/2014, the company did not file any so called. And it was by city ballot, I was unable to appear on that day, and it was dismissed.
20 years after this company
Lordship is taken covenant and direct issue list of the matter. And when it was not listed, I have.
Okay, issue notice to the insurance company by registered post. List the matter in February asu. 6th February.
There is a IA has been filed for condonation of delay. Your lordship may issue notice on that.
Condonation of delay, issue notice on delay also. Issue notice on delay also. I number issue notice on delay. They delay kale.
Sir, say focus.
Sir, this focus was छाड़न्तु एते माने your client has 2004
I remember the very when all memos are quality also going to focus on the asset.
This is very boring situation.
We guti case କେବେ restraining
ଆଉ 6 ତାରିଖ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ମୁଁ ମୁକ୍ତ କରିଦେବି, ଡୋଣ୍ଟ वरी। This way that way ଖତମ କରିଦେବି। ଆଉ the next
Item 18.
18
Item 18.
CRLM
18.
କଣ ହେଲା?
Settlement है. One time settlement has been completed.
They have filed a memo for withdrawal of.
CRLM কবে ফাইল করতে?
না না এটা
Item 18.
WPC 11401 of 2021.
18
18, my lord. 114021.
what happened?
The petitioner filed a memo for withdrawal of the writ petition.
Okay, withdrawal granted.
My lord,
My name reflect.
my lord, the memo in the memo, my lord, some documents are there, my lord. The bank's document that can be taken up records, my lord.
ये तो अच्छी already हो गया.
As per the memo filed by the petitioner on
Along with
4/12/2023, the petitioner seeks to seeks not to proceed with the matter since the parties have compromised the loan account
No, I have not known.
through one ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି through OTS ବୋଲିକିରି
ସିଏ ତାଙ୍କର ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି I have
My lord, the memo, the bank letter is there, my lord. That's why I am
କପି
saying
ମତେ ଦେଇନା ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି? ଆଚ୍ଛା
that is on record.
today I have come to know that there is a withdrawal. Since he has filed a memo for withdrawal, it's a simply withdrawn matter.
okay 6 to withdraw କରିଦେବ ଏତେ କଥା ଗୋଡାଇଲେ ଛାଡ଼ 6 to withdraw
My lord, only the documents can be record, my lord. That may be.
ସେଟା ଅଛି ରେକର୍ଡ ଆଉ କଣଟା?
ଆଉ କଣଟା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଥିରେ bank document ଟା ଅଛି।
ଆମର withdraw ହେଲା ତ ଗଲା ତାପରେ ଯାହା ଦରକାର ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରୁ ନେବେ ଆଉ କଣ next
Item 19.
19
May I presume lordship? I have filed the IA for modification of the order passed by your lordship on three.
what is the modification madam ଆପଣଙ୍କ କେସ୍ ସରିବନି କେବେ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ virtuality ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତିଟେ ବି ଲଗାଇବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଏଠି
Your lordship directed to pay the area maintenance in three equal EMI.
ହଁ
Three equal EMI, the area maintenance to be.
ଦେଲେ
paid by
ଆପଣ
the- My lord,
ପଇସା ଦେଲେ କି
no, my lord, problem is that.
I am asking have you given money
The Lornate code below is not accepting the, even the current amounts.
ତ ଆପଣ ଏଠି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Yes, my lord.
You will?
The problem is that the.
ଏଇଟା କଣ
Petitioner is
draft?
jobless. I have filed the affidavit before your lordship. He is depending upon his father's pension.
ये सब जिनिस कोर्ट
Only-
शुणिबनी
only
ए
problem is that
जॉबलेस
loan
ये
paid
सब
by- only
nothing
price
nothing
there is only for
our small amount is କହିଛି you have a small kids everything is there so you have to pay
two more EMI may be
କେତେ
that.
କେତେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ମ୍ୟାଡାମ
My lord, ମୁଁ 21/11/2023 ଫାଇଲ କଲି ଅନବୁଲ
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଡ୍ରାଫ୍ଟଟା ଧରିଛି ଏଟା କେତେ ପଇସା
80,000.
50,700 ର କିନ୍ତୁ my lord ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଦେଇଥିଲି କାଉଣ୍ଟିଂ ର
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ଆଗ ପକାନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଦେଖିବା
my lord ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା କହୁଛି
ଆଗ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ପକାନ୍ତୁ
ସେଇଟା my lord କହୁଛି କଣ ଭୁଲ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ କାଉଣ୍ଟିଂ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଟା ଦେଇଥିଲି ଶୁଭଶ୍ରୀ ଦିବଦର୍ଶିନୀ ପାଣିର ସ୍ପେଲିଂ ଟା ସେଇଥିରେ ସବୁ ସ୍ପେଲିଂ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ରେ ଭୁଲ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ମତେ ନୋଟେଇ ଦଉଛି ରିଟର୍ନ କରିଦଉଛି
ଏଇ ଡ୍ରାଫ୍ଟଟା ଦଉନି
ନା ରିଟର୍ନ କରିଦଉଛି
ଆପଣ ଠିକ ଠାକ ସ୍ପେଲିଂ କାଇଁ ଲେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କାଇଁ ଲେଖୁନି
I will take it straight.
ଆପଣ କେତେ ପଇସା ଦେବା କଥା ସେ କେତେ ପଇସା ଦେବା କଥା
my lord ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି
କେତେ 1 ଲାખ
my lord ମୁଁ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ କରିଥିଲି 1,52,000 ର କରିଥିଲି 23/10/2023 ଯାକେ କିନ୍ତୁ ରେଗୁଲାର ପଇସା ନଭେମ୍ବର ମାସର ସେ ରେଗୁଲାର ପଇସା ବି ସେଦିନ ଦେଲେନି କିନ୍ତୁ ଡିସେମ୍ବର ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲାନି ସେଟା ବି ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି କିଛି
1,62,000 ଆପଣ ବାକିଟା କେବେ ଦେବେ
Within,
ଏ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଏ ସବୁ ଭୁଲଭାଲ କରନ୍ତୁ 1 ଲାଖ ର ଗୋଟେ ଚେକ୍ ଟେ ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ବାକି ପଛେ ବାକି
my lord
ଆଗକୁ 1 ଲାଖ ର ଗୋଟେ 1 ଗୋ ରେ ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ୱିଥ୍ କରେକ୍ଟ
my lord request
ପିଟିସନର କିଏ ପିଟିସନର କିଏ ଆପଣ
my lord request
petitioner to pay a check sorry, a draft of rupees 1 lakh within 15 days from today with proper name and spelling so that the bank should not return her on account of material defect in the draft. ठीक कर डिटेल ना ठीक ये करो भूलभाल दे आपनकर क्लाइंट आपन वाइफ तार ना स्पेलिंग जानि एदी तो प्रॉब्लम होजी तार वाइफ रे ना स्पेलिंग जानि आर कोन
here may court may accept the current amount also.
करंट में केंदी चेक तो कर कैंसिल कर देंदु चेक रिटर्न कर देंदु अपन
yes ma'am
रिटर्न बैक
wait madam
हां so the opposite party petitioner in person return the draft or return the draft to the council for the petitioner draft kete amount ro heda
50,700
50,700 rupees draft amounting to rupees 50,700 to the land council for the petitioner stating that there is spelling error in the name of the petitioner which is not accepted by the bank hence he returned the draft. Okay. Accordingly the petitioner to deposit rupees 1 lakh before this court before the registry of this court सेठी काई सेठी आपण सेठी एठी का नाही
my lord
सेठी ଯିବା କାଇଁ ଏଠି ଆସି
मतलब से एठी हेले बेटर होंता काहे कि ना एसडीजेएम कोर्ट ऑर्डर टा जदी मु डिपॉजिट करूची 14 तारिख हाई कोर्ट ऑर्डर डिपॉजिट करूची से 21 तारिख दिन कॉन्सिलेशन जो हियरिंग करूचंती किंतु 21 तारिख 23 तारिख 21 तारिख दिन ऑर्डर सीट बाहर को ना
ओके ठीक है
से डेरी करूचंती
रजिस्ट्रार रजिस्ट्रार जुडिशियल ऑफ दिस कोर्ट हला एठी रिपीट करी
मेलर रिक्वेस्ट मेलर जोरा रेगुलर पैसाटा सेटा देबे ना नहीं सेटा भी लिखा जाऊ कोन देउना हती ना सर
केते रेगुलर केते अछि
11 मासर देई ना हती एटा 12 मासर चालुची से माने नवंबर मासर देई ना हती कि डिसेंबर मासर ना
एरिया टा को पैसा ताल
एरिया टा होची 23/10/2023 जाके मु काउंटिंग करथिली
23/10 तापर ता परर दुई मास
तापर 11 मास नवंबर मास
एंड also एटा आगे दे सार तापर देखियो
मैं हां
रेगुलर कथा बुझियो
मैं
दे सार
मेलर मो स्वामी जो कहउछन मो स्वामी जो तांको बापांको पेंशन ऊपर निर्भर करचंती तार मु डॉक्यूमेंट होची से चाकरी करछंती
आर्ग्यू करछ की
ना ना मो स्वामी चाकरी करछंती
का पे आर्ग्यू करछ
जॉब करूचंती सेटा मु कहउछ
आस्किंग
डॉक्यूमेंट
जेते दरकार सेते को अधिका कथा कहले तम अगेंस्ट जीवो
हां
पैसा सब काढी दिबे किछि दियनी कहबो
नहीं मैडम
चुपचाप हो, बस सेठी चुपचाप
डॉक्यूमेंट ता
जेतिकी दरकार सेति अधिका कहले केस खराब हो
यस मैम
ठीक है ये बाकी लिस्ट पर जानने लग दे डिस्पोजल और टाइम भाई और ठीक है बाय 22 and okay. And the petitioners shall is the opposite party shall approach the registrar आज 15 days के बाद आज को तारीख ला 6 पूरी कोर्ट खुला पर आसपो the petitioner to approach the registrar judicial the petitioner no, sorry opposite party to approach the registrar judicial on 5th December sorry I'm sorry 5th January 5th January to collect the amount हला 5 January आसी पैसा नहीं जी
यस मैम
collect the amount यदि ना देबे ताले file another application huh
thank you
let's see next
Item 20.
Item 20, my lord. Appearing for the private opposite party 4 to 7. Appearing for I am appearing for the opposite party 4 to 7.
4 to 7
4 to 7. This is Bokalatna.
4 to 7
Yes, ma'am. Item 20.
so you want to file reply
Yes, ma'am.
Lord Constable for let's the matter 1st February
Item 20.
20 20 beta kala
21.
21
May it please, my lord. My lord, here the endorsement is that the notice has returned, my lord.
why
So fresh notice is to go.
okay you Lord Constable petitioner to take fresh steps
That's the service coordinator nale
हाँ
with deposit.
Lord Constable with the FSR report the notice has returned unserved hence the petitioner to take fresh step to serve through Dusty
Within 4 days, my lord. 3 to 4 days.
the pages we filed within 4 days from today. Place the matter on January Fourth,
Grateful, my lord. Grateful.
next,
23,
23,
May I please, your lord. My lord, your lordship, the last occasion directed London State Council to take instruction.
answer the instruction.
Here this revision is not maintainable. Challenging a notice, how the revision is maintainable?
What notice they are telling you?
Notice the 110 notice of the challenge. 197 surplus to clearly say. It's 397. P97 surplus to.
Yeah.
The power of revision conferred by subsection 1 shall not be exercised in relation to any interrogatory order passed in any appeal, inquiry, trial, or other proceeding. This is simply a notice, not an order. Final order जो था that is not applicable, then only revision line.
Okay.
Your lordship may peruse the impugned order at page 11. Very notice. Your lordship, page 11, the top of the order, my lord, exact order, extract order.
Yes.
It is not notice, it is order under section 111 of CRPC, your lordship.
No.
The act mandates when an application under section 110 of CRPC is
Yeah,
reported.
but tell me one thing, sir. If you are not a delinquent, if you have not committed any error, why don't you appear and tell the same thing there instead of coming to the court?
For that reason, the present petition.
No, you go and appear with.
Your lordship may peruse the.
No.
I provision ta dekhantu.
Sir, you go and provision. Provision put on the 397 to answer.
No, 397, 111 ta dekhantu. Your lordship may peruse section 111 of CRPC.
111 कौन कौन सा?
Again, order to be made when a magistrate acting under 107, section 108, section 109 or section 1010 deem it necessary to require any person to show cause under such section, he shall, your lordship may point it out, he shall make an order in writing setting for the substance of information he received, the amount
Substance
of,
they need.
again,
Yes, substance. Let's do one thing. Let it be related back.
yes, your lordship, quash it and direct them.
The since
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା amount of bond fund କିଛି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି simply ତ ଶୋକଜ ଦେଲେ ବି ଦବ କେମିତି ଇଏଥିରେ revision is not maintainable
ପଠେଇଦେଲେ ତ ଗଲା ଏତେ revision maintain ହବ କାଇଁ ଏତେ କଥା
and it is an order
let him pass a proper order. Now the counsel for the petitioner submit that the petitioner has been served an order under section 110 of CRPC.
The order is under 111, your lordship.
No, as per 1110 0 लिखिছি
110 ନାଇଁ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି report ନାଇଁ ସେ କିଛି ଲେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ provision ସେ
ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ନା ଲେଖିନି
a report under section 110
as per the report under section
110 110 ରେ ହେଲେ order ହବ 111 ରେ ଏଟା this is the order under 111 your lordship.
You are right.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
110 ହଉଛି report.
ଆଜ୍ଞା report ଟା 110
issued the order under section 111 as per the report under section 110 CRPC of Baramba police station. The counsel for the petitioner further submits that as per section 111 of CRPC, it 111 quote कर दो पूरा, है 111 पूरा quote कर दो. The order passed under the said section, the order passed under the said section, order dated 17/10/2023 passed under the said opposite section doesn't reflect any substance as mandated under the said provision. Substance?
Amount of bond also.
Substance of information or amount of bond etc.
Yes, sir.
Hence, the order passed by the executive magistrate suffers from the deficiency of non-compliance to the section 111 of the CRPC. In such view of the matter, let the matter be remanded back to the executive magistrate Badamba, for fresh issuance of such order, strictly following section 111 of the CRPC. Accordingly, the order passed by the executive magistrate Badamba, order dated 17/10/2023, which quashed, and the petition is disposed. The CRLV is disposed of. The answer should be author first.
Obliged.
Item 24.
Next.
My lord, meet me, your lordship. My lord. Item 24, your lordship, the petitioner is there before your lordship challenging the order dated 5/10/2023. That is passed by the learned Sessions Judge Barampur. Your lordship may kindly see the order that is at page 38. Now, your lordship, the fact is that one check bounce case was filed by the opposite part number 1. So, in that check bounce case, the present petitioner was the accused. That is Srimati Puspanjali Padi. Now, the learned magistrate.
What is the check bounce? What is the check? What is the
4 lakhs.
consideration? What is the consideration?
4 lakhs rupees.
What is the
Compensation.
For what purpose the check was given?
My lord,
For what purpose check was
the
issued?
complainant says it is a business transaction and he has given a friendly loan to me. Cash. Admitted. He is saying that it is in cash. That is disputed because your lordship.
You say you have not received anything.
My lord, I have received.
Cash sendi କରନ୍ତି ଲୋକ।
ସେଟା
cash ନେଇଯିବେ ତାପରେ କହିବେ ଦେଲାନି ଦେଇନି ଏମିତି
ନାଇଁ actually ଆଜ୍ଞା କଥାଟା କଣ ହେଇଛି?
This is the common tendency.
Your lordship may kindly see. ଏଥିରେ
ନେଲା ବେଳକୁ ଦରବାର ଭାବେ ଦେଇ ତାପରେ ନେଇଯିବେ ତାପରେ ଦେଖିବେ ନାଇଁ cash
My lord, with respect, your lordship, I have not admitted, but the fact remains that your lordship, he has given full. Fact remains. He has given it to my husband. But he said that unless you issue 2 checks, wife has a security check and husband as the principal debtor, I will not give 4 lakhs. So my husband has given 4 lakhs check. That is bounced, your lordship. That is also bounced. And there is a check bounce case, 1cc 55/2020, pending against the husband. In fact, your lordship, the wife is not responsible. This is the fact, but I have not stated so because I am taking a plea of denial, so I am unable to say so. Now the check bounce case proceeded against the wife. The learned magistrate directed the wife to pay 5,50,000. Now I have preferred an appeal. In the appeal, the appellate court directed to deposit 25% of the amount, that is 1,37,500. Now, my lord, that I was unable to deposit immediately. So I filed a petition referring the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court in Jambu Bhandari versus MP State Industrial, wherein it is said that exceptions are there. It is not mandatory. But the learned court below has been, the learned appellate court has been pleased to dismiss my petition. And finally, by 5/10/2023, dismiss the appeal for non-deposit of statutory amount. Now I am before your lordship. My prayer is that your lordship, this is in this background, considering that your lordship, some medical difficulty I have. But I have, since the case is there, I have to deposit. I cannot escape. And I have to contest the appeal also. My prayer is that since 20% is mandatory, your lordship may direct that out of 5,50,000, I will deposit 1,10,000 within 1 month and the appeal be heard. The orders.
After how many days you have come here?
No, I am coming here. 5/10/2023 is the order. That is the page 38.
5/10.
My lord.
When did you file?
I filed it on 4/12/2023. Revision I have filed. So, but the fact that is I have submitted, my lord. That is what she is saying, and that appears, your lordship, very logical also because of the case. And your lordship may kindly permit me to place that judgment. My lord knows that, but ଆଜ୍ଞା ନାଇଁ ସେଥିରେ ସେୟା ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଏକ୍ସେପସନାଲ କେସରେ ସେଟା କରିହବ। ମୁଁ ସେଇଟାକୁ ରିଲାଏ କରି ଦେଇଥିଲି that the learned appellate court didn't accept. So my prayer is that 148 says it is 20%, minimum 20%. Though the learned appellate court has directed 25%, but it is minimum 20%, so let 20% NI acted.
So you want 1 month time to deposit?
ମୁଁ କରିଦେବି କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା 1,10,000 କରିଦେବି, 20% କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
Read that one.
My lord, I am reading. 148 power of the appellate court to order payment pending appeal against conviction. Notwithstanding anything contained in Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 in an appeal by the drawer against conviction under section 138, the appellate court may order the appellant to deposit such sum which shall be minimum of 20% of the fine or compensation ordered by the trial court, provided that the amount payable under the
Minimum, the minimum.
20%.
They can.
That to that extent, illegality I am not submitting, my lord. The learned appellate court can say 25%.
One thing, deposit that and they will hear your appeal.
My lord.
They have dismissed because you have not deposited them.
My lord.
So you deposit and they will hear the appeal.
ମତେ ଏଟା 20% କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ବୋଲି ପ୍ରେୟାର କରୁଛେ। I am making a prayer that my lord may ତାଙ୍କ ଟିକେ ମେଡିକାଲ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ ନଥିଲେ this submission I would not have made. କାରଣ 1,10,000 1,35,500 ଭିତରେ ବହୁତ
Where is that
deposit order, my lord?
Order of the appellate court?
To deposit, my lord, or the dismissal?
Dismissal and deposit both?
Both, my lord. Deposit order is there, your lordship. That is at page 35. The deposit order is at page 35. Your lordship may kindly see the last paragraph.
35.
Page 35. My lord may kindly see the last paragraph. The appellant is directed to deposit 25% of the compensation amount, 5,50,000.
Since the petitioner, first starting, the petitioner filed an appeal before the appellate court with a criminal appeal number 27 of 2023 under section 374 of the CRPC against the judgment and of conviction and sentence passed on 20th April 2023 in ICC number 154 of 2020 by the present petitioner. Passed by JMFC bracketed T Barampur also. As per the said order, the petitioner, the appellant, the present petitioner was, the present revisionist was convicted for offence under section 138 of NI Act 8081 and was sentenced to pay a fine of rupees 5,50,000. And in default of payment of this same, the convict shall undergo simple imprisonment for 3 months. However, due to financial stringency and on account of some medical emergency, the petitioner could not deposit the mandatory deposit the 25% of the amount of the awarded amount before the appellate court. Hence, the petitioner, the revisionist case was dismissed. So, considering the financial stringency of the present petitioner, the appellate court is directed to consider accepting 20% of the awarded amount. That is 20%, 1 lakh.
Lakh 10,000
That
again.
is 1,10,000, 10,000. And hear the appeal within 3 months. Complete hearing the appeal. Conclude hearing the appeal within 3 months from today. According to this.
Again, I may be permitted to continue on bail and realization of the fine may be stayed. That has been passed by the learned appellate court.
I only maintain there shall not be any coercion.
My lord.
No coercive action till the appeal is asked.
My lord.
25.
Matter 2016 is Hon'Ble court has issued notice when requisite filed on the 8 February 2016. Today, no counter has been filed. The promotion and the second
They will not file.
Here we already receive instruction, we file counter.
Plans as well the state to file the counter within 2 weeks. List the matter January 4, 5 January 6th. 6th. No, 6th. 5th January. January 5th. Next.
26.
26.
Mr. Lordship, my lord. In this case, my lord, this is a question of the selection of Shiksha Sahayaka. The petitioner obtained the mark, Lordship, page 23. My mark is 174.5. I have given the district of 22 districts. Navrampur.
Sir, what is your grievance?
Mind that
Directly come to the point. How story
I secured 174.5 marks.
Who district?
Keonjhar district. But I have given
first option Keonjhar.
Keonjhar. 22 district ଦେଇଥିଲି.
Keonjhar
Navrampur and Kalahandi. Navrampur, Kalahandi. They have given the to the candidate on 169 point, where I secured 174.5. In 2 districts also, there are so many candidates they have given below marks. I have given the charge, my lord.
So
I am
district sir.
I am
Reference first Keonjhar dele.
Preference of second
What is Navrampur there is 17 preference. First preference sorry gala, exhaust he gala. Kalahandi se ଦେଇଥିଲେ Kalahandi fourth preference. ସେଠି first preference ସରି ଗଲା, exhaust ହେଇଗଲା.
ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ବହୁତ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି SCBC 10 ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଦେବେ ତାକୁ ଦେବେ ନା ଆଉ ଆପଣ ତଳ ଜାଷ୍ଟ କୋଉଠି ନ ପାଇଲେ ମୁଁ ଏଠି ପାଇଲି ପକେଇ ଦେବେ ତାକୁ ଦେଇଦେବେ।
नो बट
नो କଣ ଯାର ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ ବାଲା ଯଦି ରହିବେ ସପୋଜ 170 160 ବାଲା ବି ଲାଷ୍ଟ କୁ ରହିବ ତାକୁ ଦିଆହବ ନା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଅଲଗା
state wise selection by the OSP that
this is see state district with preference debe
माने OSEPA has not filed counter
OSEPA ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ମୋ
ସେ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି counter ନା ମାନେ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
counter file କରନ୍ତୁ
counter ଆମେ ଦେଇଛୁ
logic
ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
sir
କଳାହାଣ୍ଡି
କାହିଁକି ଆମେ
ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁରରେ 10 ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
see the logic
your lordship
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ମୋ କଥାଟା those people who have secured first preference secured marks
less mark
yes
less mark ତାଙ୍କୁ ବି ମିଳିବ ପାଇବ ଆପଣ ଯଦି 17 ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ 18 ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ ଆସିକି କୋଡେ ନ ପାଇଲେ ଏଠି ଗଳି ଯିବେ ଭାବିବେ ସେମିତି ଗଳା ବାଟ ନାହିଁ
ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ମାନେ 26 ସିରିଏଲ ରେ
ହଁ
ମୁଁ 22 ସିରିଏଲ ଅଛି
ହେଇଥାନ୍ତୁ
ନା ମୁଁ 22 ସିରିଏଲ ଅଛି
22 ସିରିଏଲ
ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁରରେ ଥାର୍ଡ ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ ଗଲା
ଥାର୍ଡ ହେଲେ 22 ସିରିଏଲ ମୋ ସେ 26
ଆପଣ 22 ଜବ ଥାର୍ଡ ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ 16 ରେ ସରିଗଲା ତାର
ନା ଏ 26 ଜାକେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ 22 ରେ ଅଛି ନା 22 ଟପିକ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ସେ କେମିତି ଦେବେ ସେ?
ଥାର୍ଡ ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ
ନା ଥାର୍ଡ ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ ହେଲେ କେମିତି ଦେବେ? ସେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ
serial
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ
number
ଥାର୍ଡ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ସିରିୟଲ ନମ୍ବର ନୁହେଁ
ହଁ ସିରିଏଲ ନମ୍ବର ଆଜ୍ଞା। ମୁଁ
serial number ରହିବନି?
ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ
କଣ
ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ will be considered
Preference
ନମାୟ
is
ନମାୟ
okay, but
ରିଅଲ ଅସୁ କାଇଁ ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁରଟା
sir serial number
ସତର
ଆପଣ
serial।
ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଯୋଉ ବାହାର କରିବେ ସେଥିରେ ତ ସିରିଏଲି ରହିବ ନା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେ ସିରିଏଲି ଯଦି ସେ ଅଛି ଦ୍ୟାଟ ମିନ୍ସ ଆପଣ କନସିଡର କରିଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ ସେ
ଷ୍ଟେଟ
preference
ଲେଭେଲ
ଆସିଛି।
ସିରିୟଲ ହେଲା ପରେ ତାପରେ ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ ଟା ଦେଖାଯିବ ଯିଏ
ନ
ଯୋଉ
ହଉ।
ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ରେ ଦେଲେ ତାକୁ ସେଗ୍ରିଗେଟ କରିଦେଲେ
ମୁଁ 17 ସିରିଏଲ
ସେ ସିରିଏଲ କାଇଁ ଆଣିଲେ ତାକୁ ତ
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ କେଉଁଝରରେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଏକ୍ସଷ୍ଟ
ଯାଉ।
ହେଇଗଲା କି ସେକ୍ୟୁର୍ଡ ଲେସ୍ ମାର୍କ
I understood sir that part I understood but his question is when
17 ସିରିଏଲ
sir ଟିକେ ଅଟକିବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହଁ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ବୁଝେଇ ଦିଏ
ହଁ।
ମୁଁ ଯାହା ବୁଝିଛି ବହୁତ ବୋଧେ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିଛି ଆଉ ଯଦି ନ ବୁଝିଲେ ଆପଣ ବୁଝାନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ବୁଝେ ଚୁପଚାପ ଅଛି ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
ନା ମାଲି
ଆଉ ବୁଝାନ୍ତୁ
ଏଇ ସମୟ
ନା ଆପଣ ବୁଝାନ୍ତୁ
ନା ନା ନା
ନା ଆପଣ ବୁଝାନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କହିବାକୁ ଦେବେନି ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ବୁଝେଇବି କଣ? See, serially when you are preparing the list, if his serial number is 17 and you are giving 18, 19, 20, you have already
we have not given that is wrong
you
We
file a
have given
reply.
up to third
You file a reply.
yes
File a reply. Land
27
Kashmir
page ରେ
state. Okay, Land Kashmir state to file the reply. Let him file the reply.
27 page
Sir, reply file କରନ୍ତୁ ନା।
already we have filed reply
26
File reply. କଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ୟା ଉପରେ?
yes that you have a glance we have details we have discussed very much
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି? Where is the reply?
Come to
Item 26.
Reply କଣ
26
କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
counter period file open out court
କାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଦେଇନି number 4
Page
page you have come to start from paragraph 5
petitioner the present petition has challenged the opposite parties for not selecting the petitioner for the
Paragraph.
post of junior teacher contractual astral Sikha Sayak 1617 in Nabarangpur district which is 17th choice of the preference.
yes
अच्छा ଆପଣଙ୍କର ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର ହେଲେ 17 ନମ୍ବର ରାଇଟ୍
17
ଖାଲି ବଡ ବଡ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଆଉ କଟକ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ବପୁରୀ ଖୋଜିବେ ତାପରେ ଯିବେ ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁରରେ ପୁଣି ଆପଣ ନ ପାଇଲେ ଏଠି ଆସି ଡେଇଁ ଡେଇଁ ଆସିବେ
ଏ ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁରରେ 26 ସିରିଏଲ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
10 ସେଇ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଲୋକକୁ ଆଗ ଦେବେ ଆପଣ ଅଧିକ ମାର୍କ ଥିଲେ ବି ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ ତାଙ୍କର
ସେ କମ ମାର୍କ ଲେସ୍ ମାର୍କ ସେ
ଭଲ ଥାନ୍ତୁ କଣ
26 ରେ କେମିତି
ବିଲକୁଲ ବଢିଆ ଦେଲେ
when my serial is 17 ସେ ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁରରେ 17 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଦେବେ ତାପରେ 17 18 ଟା ମୋର ପଡିବ
ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଲୋକର ମାର୍କ କେତେ ହେଇଛି ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର
ଠିକ
120 ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଲୋକର ମାର୍କ କେତେ the person who was selected at the last bottom of the list bottom of the list କେତେ
SCBC ଲାଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି 141 କୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି 144
ସାର୍ ବଟମ ଅଫ ଦ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ରେ ମାର୍କ କେତେ ଥିଲା
ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁରରେ ସେ
141 or something marks
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମାର୍କ ଥିଲା
174.5
he has given third preference
Code.
Nabarangpur and he is in your category now he is SCBC and petitioner is available age relaxation now he is trying to migrate to your category that is not permissible under law EBD package
ସେଇଠି କି ଓସେପା that is the select
ସବୁଆଡେ ହାତ ପାର ମାରିଛନ୍ତି
ନା ନା
ଏମପି ପସଲେ ଯୋଉ
this is
ବାଟ
the
ଗଳା
selection by the OSEPA not ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର district କଳାହାଣ୍ଡି OSEPA এটা declare କଲେ ତେଣୁ ସିଏ କହିଲେ ଯେ 12
they have a methodology ନା ଓସେପା has a methodology ଆପଣ ଯଦି
Yes.
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ ସେଠି ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁରରେ ଆପଣ ତ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ଆସି ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ
yes
ଆପଣ ଦେବେ କେଉଁଝର ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ ଦେଲେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ବି ଦେଇଥିଲେ ବି ପୋଷ୍ଟ ହେଲେ
No,
ଆପଣ
my-
17th ରେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ପୁରା।
17 ସିରିଏଲ
Then କେମିତି
ସେ 26 ସିରିଏଲ କେମିତି ଦେଲେ
am then I'm a third then
ଏଇଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ପୁରା ଆପଣ ଜାଣି କଣ
ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଠିକ ଅଛି, ଠିକ ଅଛି। Specific query answer this.
143 ସିରିଏଲ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
Submit that. ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ Land Concept ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଜୁନିୟର ବଢିଆ ଯେତେ ଦରକାର ସେତିକି କହିବେ ଆପଣ ଅଧିକ କହନ୍ତୁ
ନା କହିବିନି
ତାକୁ ଛାଡି ସେ ବଢିଆ କରୁଛି
ଆପଣ
ସେ ପଛରେ ଛିଡା ହେଇଛି Okay, Land Concept the petitioner submit that. The petitioner serial number was
mark is 174
mark ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ serial number କେତେ selected select list କେତେ ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର
31 serial number 31
ଏବେ ତ କହୁଥିଲେ 15 କି 16 ବୋଲି ଏବେ 31 କରି
ନା ନା ଏଇ ଯେ ତାଙ୍କର ସିଲେକ୍ଟର ଲିଷ୍ଟ ବାହାର କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିରେ ମାର୍କ ଟା ସିଲେକ୍ଟ
କେତେ ପେଜ ଏଟା କହିଲେ
ଏଟା ପେଜ 23 ସେଇଥିରେ ମତେ 174.5% ମାର୍କ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
23
23 ପେଜ
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଟା କଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଟା
ବଦ୍ରି ନାରାୟଣ ରାଉ 31 ରେ ଅଛି
ଏଟା କୋଉ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଏଟା
ସେ କେଉଁଝର ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ
କେଉଁଝର ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ମ ଆପଣ ମାଲକାନଗିରି କୁ ଆସି ଯୋଉ ସରି
କେଉଁଝର ସେ ପାଇଲେ
ନା
କେଉଁଝର ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ଛାଡ ନାହିଁ ଏଇଟା ଯୋଉ ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର ଲିଷ୍ଟ ପେଜ 27
27 ଏଥିରେ କେତେ ନମ୍ବର ସିରିୟଲ ନମ୍ବର ଆପଣଙ୍କର
ଏଥିରେ ନାହିଁ ମୋର
ହାଁ
ଦେଇନା
ଆଉ କାଇଁ ଏବେ କହୁଥିଲେ ଏତେ ନମ୍ବର ସିରିୟଲ ନମ୍ବର ବୋଲି
ସେ ପୁରା
ଆପଣ କେଉଁଝର ସିରିୟଲ ନମ୍ବର ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
Yes.
ମୁଁ ବି ଆପଣଙ୍କ
No, no,
କଥା
no, no.
ଶୁଣୁଛି
ये टर्न टू ये लक्ष्मी टर्न टू
ସାର୍ ଏ ଯୋଉ ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର ସିରିୟଲ ନମ୍ବର ଯଦି ଆପଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
cross
ମୁଁ
କରି
ଦଉଛି,
ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ,
ଦଉଛି।
ବାଃ, ବଢିଆ
ଅଛି,
ଚାଲୁଛନ୍ତି
ଅଛି।
ଆପଣ।
କେଉଁଝର ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ କଳାହାଣ୍ଡି
Page 21, page 21.
ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର 17
ଟିକେ
ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ପେଜ 21
ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର ଲିଷ୍ଟରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଅଛି କି
ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର ଯେ 17 ସିରିୟଲ ମୋ ନାଁ ସେମାନେ ଲେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି
କାହିଁ ଲେଖିବେ 17 ସିରିୟଲ କେମିତି ଲେଖିବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆମର ତ ଥାର୍ଡ ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟ କରିବା
ଆପଣ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଟା ବୁଝୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଖାଲି ଲେଖିଲେ
My lord, my
ମୋ କଥା
serial is
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
17
ଆପଣ ସିରିୟଲ ମାଇଟ୍ ବି 17 in କେନ୍ଦୁଝର ନଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ୟୁର ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର
no ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର in 17
କେତେ ପେଜ
ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର 17 ରେ
page
କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ଆପଣ
21
ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ 17 କଣ ନାଁଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର
ବଦି ନାଁରେ ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି
17 ରେ ବନସ୍ମିତା ସ୍ୱାଇଁ ନାଁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ କୋଉଠି ରହିଲା
ନା ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁରଟା
ଆପଣ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ହେଇଯିବ ନା
ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି 17 that not serial
sorry sir you don't have case
ମାନେ
sorry sir no case sorry no case
my lord ओसेपा was second time
ओसेपा बजा मुझे जाने
ये लक्ष्मी काहे लिखी माने ओसेपा second time notice issued to ओसेपा he did not appear before your lordship
no no you don't have the case
2 times direction was issued
କିଛି
to
ନା
file the counter
ହେଇ ପାରିବନି sir
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେମାନେ 141 ଜାଗା ଦେଲେ ସେଠି
no no no
174 ମୋର
petitioner files the present petition for
ମାନେ ଓସେପା not file the counter
as per advertisement dated 1/12/2017 by challenging the order dated 13/7/2018 of the state project director OPEPA. The petitioner, the land council petitioner submit that the petitioner applied for the said post, giving preferential, giving Keonjhar as his first preferential choice, and fourth choice was Kalahandi, and 17th choice was to Nabarangpur districts. As per the select list of Nabarangpur district, the petitioner could not qualify both in Keonjhar and Kalahandi district. However, the petitioner approached the petitioner's choice, preferential choice is 17th in the district of Nabarangpur. The grievance of the petitioner is that even if he has secured 174.5% of marks with 31 serial in selection list of Keonjhar district, the petitioner should have been selected in the district of Nabarangpur, since his score is his or her his score is higher than the candidate who had selected at the bottom of the list. Land Council of the state submit that since the petitioner had the preference of 17 for Nabarangpur district, those candidates with 1, 2, 3, the first, second, third preference have been allotted. Hence, the petitioner doesn't qualify for the said district, qualify to be placed in the selection list in the said district list. Qualified to be placed in the selection list of the Nabarangpur district. In view of the mechanism adopted by the OSEPA, and the preferential and the preference option adopted by the present petitioner, the petitioner case suffer from merit, accordingly dismissed. Yes, President.
I may pardon.
Next.
Item 18 urgent certificate. Item 18 by lord. Origin 35 copy.
ଏବେ ମଝିରେ ଆସିକି ଏଇଟା କଣ ମେନସନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି? ସେଟା ଉଠିଲା ବେଳେ କହିଲେ
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଭୁଲିଗଲି ପଳେଇଲି ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଭୁଲିଗଲେ ତମ ଭୁଲିଗଲେ ଆମେ କଣ ତମକୁ ମନେ ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ କଣ ଠିକା ନେଇଛୁ?
ସରି ଭାଇ।
ବିଲକୁଲ ମଝିରେ ନାହିଁ, ମଝିରେ ବିଲକୁଲ ନାହିଁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ମଝିରେ ପଳେଇ ଆସିକି ଛଡା ବିଲକୁଲ ଦିଆହବ ତମକୁ 2 ଦିନ ପରେ ଦିଆହବ। ଟେକ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଫର 2 ଦିନ ପରେ ସରି
ସରି ଆଜି କେସ୍
ସରି ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ତ
ଆମେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ମାଗିବୁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ।
ହେଲା ତ ଦିଆହବ ତ ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ଏତେ ତରବର ହଉଛନ୍ତି?
ନାଇଁ ଅର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ ନ କଲେ ଆସିବ।
ଅର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ ନ କଲେ କାଇଁ ଅର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ ସେଦିନ ଆଉ ଇଏ ହଉନି ବେକାର କଥା ଗୁଡା।
I'm sorry.
ସବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଧାନ ଏବେ ଲଗେଇବେ, ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଚାଉଳ ଦରକାର, ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଭାତ ଦରକାର, ଟିକେ ଟାଇମ ଲାଗିବ ନା। ବାସ୍ ଆଉ ଆମେ କଣ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ ବିଙ୍ଗ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ରୋବଟ ଏଆଇ ରେ ଆମେ କାମ କରୁଛୁ।
ଅର୍ଡର ମେନସନ ନ କଲେ କଣ?
ନା ବିଲକୁଲ ନାହିଁ, ମଝିରେ ଯେ ମେନସନ କରିବ ତାଟା 3 ଦିନ ପରେ ଦବ, ତା ଆଗରୁ ଦେଲା ବେଳେ ଦେଖିବେ। ବିଲକୁଲ ନାହିଁ, ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦୟ ହେବାକୁ ପଡୁଛି। ଆପଣ ଦୟା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା, ଅଲଗା ଲୋକ ଜାଗାକୁ ମାଡି ବସୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ। ଗୋଟେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ବି ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ। Why should you come in between? Question of discipline, not the second. Discipline is important, not second. Next.
Item 20. My lord, may I please lordship? My lord, here I am challenging the award passed by the permanent local adalat, my lord.
What is the award?
My lord, that is to pay 3 lakhs rupees for the, my lord, that remember, my lord, Indigo matter, my lord, the gate number changed, my lord, from gate number 4 to gate number 13. So that's why, my lord, he has
Indigo re ke appear kurchi?
My lord, I am appearing for the Indigo, my lord. I have challenged that award there, my lord.
Okay, so
expert award
just can you refresh?
My lord, that Indigo, my lord, the passenger went from the Mumbai to, my lord, Bhubaneswar. In Chennai, the gate number changed from gate number 4 to gate number 13, my lord. So that's why, my lord, he got delayed and he has to pay.
Number change हो तो आपनकर जो client जो phone रे busy थिबे आपनकर तांकर काका संग कथा हेबर गपु थिबे।
I am for the
Indigo जणा पड़ेनी।
My lord,
airline को कहीं दोस्त दिया हो?
My lord, I am for the airline, my lord.
ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା କହୁଛି, ମୁଁ ତମ ଖବର କହୁଛି, ଖୁସି ଚୁପଚାପ ବସ। ଆର ପାଟି କି ଆମର ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହୁଛି, ବହୁତ ସମୟରେ ଏମିତି ହଉଛି ଗେଟ୍ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହୁଏ because of certain exigency they change suddenly. ସେତେବେଳେ they regularly call again and again କହନ୍ତି ଯେ ଗେଟ୍ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଲା, ଗେଟ୍ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଲା, ଗେଟ୍ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଲା।
ସେଟା my lord silence zone.
ଆପଣ କିଏ? ଆପଣ ଯେ decide କରନ୍ତୁ କିଏ କହିବେ? You are not supposed to speak when you are engaged advocate to speak.
I am practicing
Silent practicing law ତ ଆପଣ ନିଜେ appear କରୁଥିଲେ ନା? ଆପଣ ନିଜେ appear କରୁଥିଲେ? lawyer କୁ engage କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଆପଣ କାଇଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି?
sorry
ସାଇଲେଣ୍ଟ ଜୋନ୍ ଏଇଟା କରାଯାଏ ବୋଲି କିଏ କଲା? ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ବି ସାଇଲେଣ୍ଟ ଜୋନ୍, ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରେ ବି କୁହାଯାଏ।
that is why I myself fight.
why ସାଇଲେଣ୍ଟ ସବୁବେଳେ ଡିକ୍ଲେୟାର କରାଯାଏ।
I myself returning back from
Sir, returning back the question ନାହିଁ। whenever there is a change of gate ଯେତେବେଳେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହୁଏ ସବୁବେଳେ ଡିକ୍ଲେୟାର କରାଯାଏ।
announcement ହେଲାନି ବୋଲି that
ହେଲାନି ବୋଲି ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି?
ନା ସେମାନେ
କୋର୍ଟ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି ହେଲାନି ବୋଲି? ମୁଁ କଣ ସେଠି ମାଇକ୍ ଲଗେଇ କୋର୍ଟ ଶୁଣୁଥିଲା? ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନରେ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି? ଏଟା କଣ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ହଉଛି?
here my lord we are
Tell your client to remain silent throughout.
my lord,
Otherwise go out from the court.
my lord,
If you engage lawyer, lawyer will speak.
my lord, here what happened, my lord? Here, my lord, this is a this is a writ application challenged by the opposite party who was before the local. He had never appeared there.
Who?
The Indigo or the
I am not noticed, my lord.
No,
My lord.
it is they have never appeared. Your lordship have
Okay, I am returning back to sending back to local adalat. He will appear.
Yes,
Conciliation route खत्म है।
My lord.
Necessary. Gate change ହେଲା ନ ହେଲା ସେଟା
Only, my lord, of 2,500 he had paid.
You go there. I am returning back.
Yes, my lord.
Here, my lord, in spite of the notice, they have not appeared, and that too, my lord, in the execution proceeding, they have execution proceeding also they have not appeared.
Yes, my lord, I have appeared.
Anyway,
I have stayed, my lord, the execution proceeding, my
the
lord.
petitioner challenges the legality and validity of the impine award.
For unnecessary, for their fault, we
My
have.
lord, I have appeared in the execution case already, and I have stayed that execution case by coming to the High Court, my lord.
State.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. There is an interim order there.
Here, my lord, in the execution proceeding, they have not appeared. After getting notice, the expert was there. In spite of the several notice, they have not appeared. Here also, your lordship will find they have not appeared, and your lordship again in direct.
My lord, only one date, my lord, have not.
High Court office to issue notice to them. Thereafter, they have appeared. Now, my lord,
in this case, I have appeared in this case from before me, when my learned senior was appearing in this case, but brief was transferred to me, and then I was appearing, and then I have applied for the and filed a miscase for stay of the execution proceeding, then got stayed that matter, and now on the last occasion I have also appeared, and the day before that, my lord, that is 16/3 to 9/21, my lord, that I couldn't appear because my name was not in the list, my lord. That is MR Pradhan was there, so my lord, I could not appear in that case.
But what about that in that court, in the court below?
In the permanent local adalat, opposite party number 2 and 3 is not the party. There is no allegation against them, and the allegation
Who is
against
opposite party 2, 3?
my lord, the employees of our organization, my lord. That my lord, OP2 and OP3, my lord. There is no allegation against them. Only OP1 allegation was there, but we have not notice was not served to us. That's why we have not appeared, and that was expert award. So that's why expert award. Then they have filed the execution case, and that is also settlement matter. In settlement was done. So 30th the court permanent local adalat.
Permanent local adalat, you appeared.
No, my lord, not we have not
But,
appeared because the
without
notice was not sufficient.
This is basically a settlement issue.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Without us,
Conciliation.
yes, my lord. Without us, no order can be passed, my
Yes,
lord.
sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Conciliation. What is the mandate of that provision? Mandate of that local adalat. There should be a conciliatory
Yes, my
approach
lord.
by the local adalat.
Yes.
If conciliation fails, then they can. Upon a conciliation kind.
If they will not appear, then
How many days they have not
yes,
appeared?
your lordship have a last to the hour. That is
How many
that-
days they have not
that, yes, your lordship will find from the case 51. Neither they have appeared before the local nor before the execution court. Directly they have come to this court. And this is
The execution
yes,
case we have
51.
appeared, my lord.
Whereas
That's why we have
not appeared.
come to my lord
Whereas
stay that execution case.
This PLA case
That,
claiming
even Mr. Indigo,
Yes, my lord.
you also tell your client.
Yes.
They sometimes they do that.
My lord, that
without any sort
that
of legal
happened.
change,
That
people
happened to my lord. That
people will suddenly the regular.
my lord, last week, my lord,
Suddenly at the last
my lord,
moment, suddenly
site
10
was
people
at
will not be knowing
8:20.
also.
my lord, last week, my lord, my senior, Mr. Mahapatra, Dan Mahapatra also faced the same issue, my lord. I have, my lord.
Then pay them. You have paid this.
I am ready to pay the
Now-
ticket. I am
ready
ready
to pay.
My lord, I have instruction. I have instruction. I am ready to pay that extra amount, my lord.
How much money?
25,000, 2,500
They
only.
paid.
Yes, my lord, I will pay. No issue.
Extra amount total amount ke dechi.
3 lakhs, my lord.
Dharantu, suppose some urgency is there, some person has to
My lord,
do
my
some
lord, my lord, as per my instruction, my lord, it is a matter of 2019, my lord. In that case, we can't, my lord, now prove that there is a mic announcement or that, my lord, there is a mobile SMS, because generally,
can't prove that.
generally, we provide SMS to the concerned person.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ proof ଅଛି SMS
My lord, ସେଇଟା my lord proof ନାହିଁ
proof
2019 ମସିହାର, ସେଥିପାଇଁ my frankly my lord admitting that my lord ସେଥିରେ proof କରିପାରିବୁନି ଆମେ, ସେଥିପାଇଁ my lord on the last occasion also my lord has asked me to get instruction regarding the payment of that 2,500 extra amount. If my lord out of court commission, my lord, out of court commission, if my lord,
he might have stayed there in the hotel also.
Yes, yes.
my lord, that's my lord, that I am
He might
placing,
have stayed in hotel.
that I am
so
placing, my lord.
2,500
If out of court, my lord, if my lord is ordering some commission, then I have. But 3 lakhs, my lord,
has been
3 lakhs without any conciliation,
advocate has been suffering
without any
do one
conciliation.
thing. So we have not appeared. I'm just sending it back. You
Yes,
just-
my lord. Yes, my
Okay.
lord. Yes,
from
my lord.
evening
My lord.
to
My lord. My lord.
morning 8 he
Okay, really
waited.
good. Okay, Lekha.
So my lord,
Now the concept of the
for remitting the matter, I pray my lord some cost would be imposed because
No,
for
my lord,
nothing,
for cost, my lord, without any.
As your lordship, I leave it to you. I leave it to you.
Okay. Since the matter pertaining to the year केबे का order এটা
2018 matter, my lord. My lord.
Order টা केबे का
2018, my lord.
Order.
Order, my lord. Order dated, my lord. 8/8/2019.
ଏବେ কি আসছে ଏବେ
My lord.
এটা কেবে ফাইল ହେଇଛି 20 রে ফাইল ହେଇଛି
এটা my lord execution 21 রে file ହେଇଛି 20 রে 20 রে
I have filed the execution case.
execution case টা ଆପଣ file
19.
ହଁ
सर आपण लॉयर हेकरी आपण निजे जाननांती लॉयर हेले बिना आपण जदी लॉयर हेइछंती ताले कोर्ट ग्राउंड रे आपण तो करि परिबिनी पर्सन पिटिशन इन पर्सन ला अपियर करी नॉले यू कांट स्पीक unless you take the permission of the court. This is the system you have to आपण lawyer बोली मैं तुम कहूची आपण lawyer हेले ताले आपण you should have some discipline. If you have engaged him, he will speak, not you. Engage वकालतनामा फाइल करछंती आपण वकालतनामा फाइल करछंती नाही कोठी देखले ना ना थिला बनी आपण ना थिले तो आपण से काई तले अपियर करथले पिटिशनर इन पर्सन जदी रहिले आपण वकील ना रहइबो नाही आपण केते दिन आपण एते एजेंट लोक मो बतेबी कोठी अछि देखला किंतु वकालतनामा रे आपण ना किंतु रहइबो पिटिशनर पर्सन केवल पिटिशनर पर्सन बिल्कुल एते लाइटली काई नोछंती आपण दिस कांट बी टेकन सो लाइटली देखले हाँ पिटिशनर पर्सन भी लिखी देले एपटे आपनकर नाम भी लिखी देले 30 टा एडवोकेट ना लिखी देले सेठी एंदी करा जाय आपण एते सीनियर लोक आपण को बुझेबी आई फील सो सैड फॉर दिस जेतले पिटिशनर पर्सन लिखिबे केवल से तांगा ना रहबा काहा ना रहबनी आपण एडवोकेट अपेयर करले ही सीज टू बी द लॉयर ही सीज टू बी द पिटिशनर पर्सन
party here.
सर पार्टी इज नोहे सर दिस इज नॉट डन दिस इज द एडवोकेट दिस इज मिसकंडक्ट जोड़े पिटिशनर इन पर्सन जदि रहिबो सेठी एडवोकेट रहिबे नाही आ जदि पिटिशनर एडवोकेट रहिबे पिटिशनर पर्सन रहिबो नाही दिस इज सिस्टम यू टू फॉलो सिंस लॉन्ग आपण आपण हठात पसी आसीबे हठात आपण वकालत नाम नाही सेठी केमती हबो से वकालत मान्य नुहे से वकालत रॉन्ग पिटिशनर पर्सन से पूरा पिटिशनर पर्सन आर्ग्यू करिवे आ मजरे आपण सब हड़ा वकालत माडा फ्रेश टा करो आपण फ्रेश वकालत नाम दियंतु आपन नाम पूरा दैट इज द वकालत नाम फाइल बाय द पिटिशनर पर्सन कार ना दे आपन अलगा दैछनी अलगा काई आपन ना नाही दितरे
मोना निश्चित हबो
नहीं पिटिशन से पिटिशन ताले आगु
प्रस्तुत करबनी एग्जीक्यूटिव हिसाब रे
सर एग्जीक्यूटिव पे थे अपियर करथिले गला थरा लास्ट टाइम के अपियर करथिले आपन से आपण एसोसिएट आसिला आपण त आसिले मोर मन अछि हप्ता पूर्व थरा आपण आसिले आपण एंती अपियर करथिले सर डोंट कंफ्यूज इट इनिशियली ही केम आई रिमेंबर एते मोर मेमोरी पुअर नहीं हां इनिशियली ही केम ही अपियर लाइक दिस पिटिशनर पर्सन अपियर करथिले ना कोन तो आपण पिटिशनर पर्सन आपण वकालतनामा पिटिशनर पर्सन फाइल करथिले देखला पुराना वकालतनामा कहीं ना कथा ये नो सर कथा हो प्रिंसिपल नो प्लीज स्टॉप आई एम नॉट गोइंग कथा हो प्रिंसिपल तो गोटे नियम मानिबा कथा पड़ी कथा हो आपन केस ये नुहे नियम मानिबा कथा पड़ी गोटे जिंस अछि रूल मानिबे ना जे आसला फाइल करदला जे गलियाला जे छिडायला के गाउन खोली के आर्ग्यू करदला ए कोन एटा
एग्जीक्यूटिव हिसाब रे से
एग्जीक्यूटिव से दस्खत करी हम जाननु कि सेटा
से करछि तापर एडवोकेट हिसाब रे मो
इनिशियली जेते बेले से कले सेते बेले एग्जीक्यूटिव हिसाब रे केंती कले दस्खत से तो निजे परा पिटिशनर पर्सन थिले
वकील भी थिले
हां वकील थिले से वकील हिसाब रे आर्ग्यू करथिले पिटिशनर पर्सन आज्ञा आपण भी लॉयर थे आपण निज केस करबले गाउन खोली की करिवे बुझले हां आपण ऑल्सो अदर पर्सन विल आर्ग्यू विल वेयर द गाउन से इनिशियली सेटा करथिले सेति पे मु कहली तांको जदी सेटा करछन्ती आपण यू आर नॉट सपोज टू स्पीक दैट इज व्हाट आई टोल्ड आपण एते सीनियर लोकटा बुझिया पड़ुसी वेरी अनफॉर्चूनेट लगो so the matter has been dealt by the permanent Lok Adalat. Bhubaneswar, wherein the permanent of the Lok Adalat passed an ex parte order against the opposite party one. The opposite party one.
My lord, in that order, my lord, they are
Opposite
specified
parties.
my lord, specified.
Opposite parties, okay. And the this is possible terms of settlement will pay 3 lakh to the petitioner as compensation for the physical harassment, mental agony and suffered due to negligence of opposite parties and litigation cost of 5,000 within 1 month. It is like pronounce learned counsel for the opposite parties submit that since the opposite party did not have the chance to appear, he his part, he could not put forth his position before the permanent Lok Adalat. Learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that despite several opportunities, the opposite parties failed to appear before the permanent Lok Adalat. However,
Sir, ଟିକେ disturb करेंगे. Actually, sir, in fact, petitioner होची Indigo. I am for the opposite, old.
oh sorry, sir, I'm ulta kar dili, sir. Petitioner, opposite party, petitioner Indigo. I'm so sorry. मैं ये जो order ऐसा पढ़ी थी तो से order. So the petitioner failed to appear. Consequently, the permanent Lok Adalat passed the order of compensation against the present petitioner.
Yes.
Good, sir. Be that as it may, the permanent Lok Adalat, since the petitioner was not, petitioner didn't have the opportunity to put forth his position before the order was passed. The petitioner is granted liberty to approach the permanent Lok Adalat. Sorry, the permanent Lok Adalat is directed to grant an opportunity to the petitioner before passing the order. Accordingly, the order passed on 8 August 2019 is set aside. This said order of permanent Lok Adalat be passed within 1 month from today, after giving him due opportunity. Okay. It is made clear that the permanent Lok Adalat shall not get influenced by any of the observation made by this court, and also consider the aspect of non-appearance by the present petitioner. अपन appearance कहीं करी बनी? Appearance अपन
कोठी भी सेटा नोटिस सफिशिएंट हेच बिला कोठी भी हेनी तेनो नोटिस सफिशिएंट हेच बिला कोठी भी ऑर्डर रे हेटा हेनी कि नोटिस समन नो
In spite of the notice लिखा है order.
In spite of the notice लिखा है but
order
notice sufficient है ना.
1 month रे
my lord, we will do that.
One thing, married a fixed date so that
no 1 month कर लिबरे से को दिन तक
so fixed date for appearance so that
sir से माने permanent Lok Adalat अपना गुडे काम करिवे.
My lord,
you approach the permanent Lok Adalat just notice करिवे से
notice हो मासे भीतर केम सरी
काई सरी बनी कोन गुटे दिन तो डाकले गुटे दिन सरी जो ऑलरेडी
notice
just you put for the position सरी जो
I pray married a fixed date for appearance both parties.
sir appearance date move fix करबा ठीक है तांकर बोर्ड जानी नहीं तांकर
maybe
मासे भीतर को दिन फिक्स करिवे
that 1 month maybe
1 month within 1 month like
1 month may be extended to 2 months because notice they will again notice
तो पुराना मैटर को 1 month बाद
I'll do
जल्दी हबनी आपण 1 month भीतर we have to appear.
Yes madam. We will.
They will complete it. आपण सेटी का लॉयर पर सेट करंतु से केबे
Yes,
या बुझी करंतु आपण काम
We will do that.
सेटा भी आपण पे ये करबे.
No madam, we will do that.
And they will pass on influence by any of my observation. Merit जोड़ा पास करा करी.
Madam.
आपण खाली आसीनी बोली कहले अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया गला ता अर्थ न अमाउंट वेव हे जीवो.
No madam.
मु तो चाहू 3 लाख दियंतु. In fact you should pay. तो इंडिगो वाला ना बहुत
से देखिले ओटा से ओटा सॉरी बोली लिखिले जो वी कुड नॉट इन्फॉर्म से सॉरी बोली लिखि के
नहीं नहीं
anyhow that is be adjudicated by them, it is not.
because एथि पई मु ये करते because तमरो ये नाही माने 19 रो प्रूफ नाही किसी ने सेटा छाड़ दो सेगडा गला बट अदरवाइज इंडिगो these are the very common feature
Out of my lord
माने
submitting that
एमती पैसा ये कॉलेज तम सुधरिबो ना सुधरिबो You should pay that. That depends on influenced by this. ଯାହା ଦେବା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 5 କଲେ ବି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଯାହା ଦଉଛି ଦଉ. This is not done. Every time this happens. I myself have suffered many times.
My lord, last week, my lord, my senior has also suffered that situation.
ମାନେ କେତେ ଥର
I
କଣ
have to only
ହେଇଥିବ.
defend the case, my lord. Then.
Okay, next.
Item 28. Oh, bless.
28.
Your Lordship. My lord, for item number 28, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Adam Ali Khan. Here I am appearing for opposite part number 1 and 2. Your
1 and
Lordship,
2.
Agya,
HDFC
Ergo.
General Insurance.
Your Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks time
Why?
for filing counter and as per the noting.
Not filed counter yet. You have not filed
sorry.
counter.
No, sir, rahi jaichi tike.
Okay,
And
that
for filing of press wakalat now, my lord. 3 weeks time, my lord. I will pray for.
Press Okalat not be 1 week.
No.
That you can file any.
Your Lordship.
Where is your office? Your office is in Bhubaneswar, na? Kolkata. It comes from Kolkata.
Agya, sir.
ठीक है. 2 weeks I'm granting 2 weeks. And council with the okay, January कर दीजिए ना. Now we got 3 weeks.
Agya.
List the matter on 5th January.
Obliged, my lord.
And council with the insurance company. What is your name?
Agya.
What is your name?
Jyoti Priyadarshini Tripathi. My lord, I am appearing on behalf of my senior, Mr. A.
You are here, I recognize you, not your senior. And today you are recognized, not your senior. Okay. Senior name is already there on the top. Your name should be here. Okay. Next.
29. I am paying for time in this case first in this first.
Sorry?
ପ୍ରଥମେ ଟାଇମ୍ ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରେୟାର କରିଥିଲି
ଆସିନାହାନ୍ତି
ସେ ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି ମତେ ସେଟା କାଉଣ୍ଟର କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
କାଉଣ୍ଟରଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 3 weeks
Okay. 2 weeks time granted for filing rejoinder list the matter on January. अच्छा 3 weeks दे दियो 10 January. Next.
ଏବେ ଆସିବ
Thank you.
But they are there, file joint affidavit below. Let's see my joint affidavit, kindly see that.
Where are they? Call them.
Yes. Both
Call them
parties are
from-
present.
Ask question.
Ask question. Eight.
ଆପଣ ଦି ଜଣ ଏଟା ସାଇନ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି? You will stay together. They are staying together.
No, my lords, not separate, my lords. They have filed mutual divorce, my lord.
Mutual.
Yes.
Considering such submission. They also agreed and resolved that the petitioner husband shall pay 35 lakh towards permanent alimony to the opposite party wife. And shall withdraw all the cases pending against each other. They shall withdraw all the cases. In that view of the matter, the criminal revision petition disposal.
Great.
Next.
Passed over matter item number 6.
Disposed of and my lord, the setting aside the order passed by the, that may be adjourned, my lord.
Sorry?
My lord, the disposal setting aside the order passed by the.
That is impugn order.
Sir, actually, ସବୁ ମୁଁ case ଇଏ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛି କିନ୍ତୁ
6.
6.
I informed Mr. Sahu. Actually, he's in Barampur. He told me that he's in Barampur native place. The stuff that is one associate to Boston.
So he's not there.
He's not here.
So let's Monday then. Let's fix on Monday. It requires quicker resolution. So unless the bank counsel is there, it can't be. So let's the matter on 11.
Item number 8. Very small matter of a small employee. That Gram Rozgar Sevak.
Yes.
In this matter, he has been disengaged. And your lordship will find page 12.
Small matter, big advocate.
My learned friend requested that is why. Just to
That's
assist
good.
your lordship.
That's good. You should also help the junior advocates sometimes
Well.
with no fee. Yes.
My lord, so many things have been noted. Page 13 in the order.
Page?
Page 13.
13.
That is the communication, page 12. 13. I'll come to that. Please.
Because that Lokayukta issue. No. See, Lokayukta, I have just on that day I was having one observation. So there are so many people are involved in this scam. You are just pointing out one bichara for this Gram Rozgar Shubha.
He has no role in the matter.
तार किसी रोल न रोल थिला भी बाकी टा अनुदाव एक्शन नहीं ना दी जल्दी भी रोइला इंजीनियर जेई से माने किसी कहीं नहीं
ना inquiry report रे कहले जे he has no involvement, no case is made out. Inspector of police जने करंती.
से दिन आसु कर निश्चित आसु गुटे दिन सादरा
नहीं से आउ गुटे केस हेतला
समान कथा था सादा सिमिलर इशू आउ गुटे अछि से बहुत केते नंबर है ना
नहीं से मोर केस आमर गुटे केस रेफर कर
से दिन आसु एका संग आसु
आमर केस टा रेफर कर
एका संग सुन दवा काई आउट ऑफ डुप्लीकेट
आगे ठीक अछि.
Let the matter be tagged along WPC 31384 or 23 केबे लागिछि
नहीं सेटा जस्टिस महापात्र पाखरे आस्तला
गोटी थैला
सेतोला आपण नहीं आपनकर असाइनमेंट नथिला बोली आस्तला
हां एबे
आसीबो फिक्स आउ किछि हेइ नै
नेक्स्ट वीक नहीं 19 कर दे 19 आस
19 मतलब till then no action course action
ओके शीघ्र अछि जॉब रे अछि तबे
जॉब रे अछि
ओके till that no course action against the present petition
हां
हला till then no can't discuss खत्म next of course no course action if not disengaged if not disengaged by today okay next
item 30.
In item 30, I just now received the copy of the rejoinder. 30.
Item 30.
30. Just now I received the copy of the rejoinder. Just a week's time I take.
State Bank 6 week time to file a reply.
No, it will be hard. I have filed the rejoinder.
Huh?
I have filed the rejoinder. I have sought copy upon my lawyer.
Rejoinder file reply
reply खाली
instruction नहीं
खाली instruction oral instruction.
ठीक है जी ताले
If necessary on affidavit I'll file the instruction.
List the matter on 5th January. छुट्टी पर आसो. Next
31.
Hello. ଆପଣ ସରିଗଲା ନା ଆହୁରି ବାକି ଅଛି
से तो जजमेंट डेफर करछन्ती बुधवार जाय मु किछ कहबो
आज्ञा बिल्कुल जजमेंट पाई ही नाही फ्रॉम द पोर्टल आई हैव गॉट इट इज फॉर हियरिंग ऑन द लिमिटेशन पिटिशन योर लॉर्डशिप
काई गडौथिले ताले जजमेंट ना रे गडेले लास्ट के जाय गडे
ट्रायल कोर्ट वकील जा कहबो
दैट इज व्हाई आई रिक्वेस्टेड
कंडक्टिंग लॉयर नो
हला आपण तो गुडे पुडी जुडिशियल बुद्धिटे अछि Conducting lawyer ନଥିଲେ କଣଟା ହେଲା?
ସିଏ
ଆପଣ ସେ କହିଦେଲେ ମାନିଯିବେ ସବୁ କଥା ଆପଣ?
ଆମେ କଣ କରିବୁ ଆମେ ତ ତାଙ୍କ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ
Across the road ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଜାଣିପାରିବେ।
କଟକ ନୁହଁ କଟକ ନୁହଁ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର କଟକ ମୁଁ ବୁଝି ଦେଇଛି
କଣ ମାସକୁ 30 ଥର ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି?
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ କୁଆଡେ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଆମକୁ କିଏ ଆଗେ ନବ
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର କଣ
ନା ବା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ କଣ ସେମାନେ
ଓକେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଆପଣ କଣ ଦେବା କଣ ଦଉଥିଲେ ଆପଣ?
ନା ସେଟା ଦେଖଉଥିଲି ଯେ ସେ ସିଭିଲ କୋର୍ଟରେ
ଓକେ ଅର୍ଡର ନେକ୍ସଟ 32
32
32 ଇଏ କଲେ ପରା 33
33 my lord, I have taken consent of my friend, I pray.
Morning they mentioned to take adjournment. They have taken my consent also, Your Lordship.
Okay, good.
I have a
January asudal.
My lord, a small premise. I have appeared. The OP number 4 ko they have issued summons. I am also appeared for OP number 4.
January 10th, 11 January.
Man.
Next.
34.
34. What are Pujari Sahab?
I am on behalf of Mr. Pujari. I am on behalf of Mr. Pujari. In this case,
which for the bank?
Conflict.
What is the number?
34.
Bank ro kiya achindi?
Bank.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, sir. The format.
Argument has already been completed. Citation has been given.
Give
Only one advertisement is to be submitted.
Order is ঠিক আছে
your lordship confirm the original advertisement but have already provided it out of copy
ঠিক আছে so argument is over
only amendment counter bill খালি আমু খালি তা কইলে original advertisement
No.
so original advertisement ঠিক আছে order is next
Item 36.
36 36.
Yes, sir. I'm appearing for opposite part number 3, Siddhi Lakshmi Motors. Siddhi Lakshmi Motors.
Shibba Lakshmi Motors, okay. So, who is for the petition?
I'm for opposite part number 1 and 2.
Petitioner?
No.
नहीं आगे थोड़ा petition नहीं approve थोड़ा चले who is for the petitioner? भावा रंजन करो. You are for OP number 3.
Yes, sir.
You are for
1 and 2.
1 and 2. And you are also?
No. Our name may be deleted. My prayer is.
What is your name?
Mr. GP Datta and associate name may be deleted. We both are appearing for.
Your name is not there.
Yes.
GP Datta.
Yes,
okay.
GP Datta.
The name of Mr. GP Datta and associates will be removed from the. You are for OP number 1.
1.
And be replaced with Mr. Your name?
SK Sahu. On behalf of Khan.
SK Sahu. But you are for OP number 2 na?
1 and 2.
You are the petitioner. Okay, let's hear.
Accidentally claim amount is not paid.
Corrected consolidated copy not submitted.
Already
कॉपी गोटे दे दियंतु ताको नाले केंदी रिसेट करिवे
रिट्रीव कॉपी
एमे कॉपी ना देले एमे केंदी इंस्ट्रक्शन नेबे केंदी
आगे रखे जन ऑलरेडी शॉर्ट कॉपी
एक को दिछन कॉपी नंबर 1 को
नो कॉपी का भी
सर अनेक पार्टी अछंती कागो देथि एक को देना गिव ए कॉपी सर ए कथा कोडा हला जस्ट गिव ए कॉपी यू कैन टेक
नेक्स्ट वीक कॉपी टुडे
हां ठीक है 20th रासु
3 weeks
गिव ए
I have filed counter.
गाड़ी 3 वर्ष 3
जनवरी आसु ताले एते कथा जनवरी 9th रे आसु और 3 वर्ष ला आउते 20 दिन रे कोन है 9th रे आसु 9th January
file my counter
in the meanwhile but to file the counter
you file the counter yes in the meantime learn concept of the opposite part number 1 shall file 1 and 2 file the counter है ना अपन file counter file कर OP number 3
Malo, there is no action claim against opposite part number 3.
Only your performer. Okay. What is your name?
Jeannie
Mahanti.
Yes.
OP number 3. ठीक है, if you don't want to file, you don't file. ହେଲା? ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Copy ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି copy ସବୁ
କପି ଦେବେ ସାର୍, କେତେ ମୁଁ କପି ଦେଲେବି ନା କଣ?
No.
ଆଉ ମଗାମଗି ହେଇପାରିବେନି, ଯାଇକି ବାଟରେ ନହେଲେ ତା ସାର୍ ଧରିବେ ଚୁଟି, କପି ନଦେଲେ ଛାଡ଼ିବିନି କହିବେ।
Ninth January.
ଏଇଟା ବି ମତେ ପଚାରିବେ।
9th January. 9th January.
ହଁ, ନାଇଁ ଜାଣିବି। ସାର୍ କପି ନିଅନ୍ତୁ, ନହେଲେ ଗାଉନ ଧରି ପକେଇବେ। କପି ନ ଦେଲେ ଗାଉନ ଛାଡ଼ିବିନି।
In course of day.
During the course of the day.
Okay.
Next.
Item 38.
38.
That is the adjustment proceeding. 126 Electricity Act 2003. One judgment will also pass the order.
Yes,
I am for the opposite party number 2, my lord. Let's see. 2 weeks time to file counter mail.
Yeah, for whom?
I am for the opposite number 2, the complainant in the court below.
Complainant. এটা তো ଯିବ ଏ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି କନଜ୍ୟୁମର
Appellate authority କି ଯିବ।
ଦିଅ ସେ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଦିଅ, ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ସେ ଲାଇନରେ ପାସ୍ କର।
ସେ ଯଦି ମୁଁ ଦେଇନା।
ଦିଅ
ଏଟା ମୁଁ କରେକ୍ସନ ଟିକେ କରି ଦେଇଛି ଯୋଉ
ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ନା ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ। ଲେଖି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ?
ହଁ correction।
ତମ ପାଇଁ ଇଜି ହେଇଗଲା। ଠିକ ଅଛି, ସିମିଲାର ହବ।
GRF ଜାଗାରେ appellate authority ହବ।
ସବୁ ପାସ୍ କରିକି ଆସିବ।
ସିମିଲାର ପାସ୍ କରିବ ନା କଣ?
ଭୁଲଭାଲ ହବନି, ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅର୍ଡର ଭୁଲ ହେଇଗଲା, ଏକ ଡେଟ୍ ଭୁଲ ହେଇଗଲା, ଏସବୁ ରହିବନି। ବଢିଆ। ନେକ୍ସଟ।
Item 39.
Let's say dispose of the matter.
Electricity matter ଟା actually consumer forum ରେ ବେଶୀ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସିନା, that's wrong. Next.
May I plead, Lord?
39.
My lord, in this case, I have filed a miscase, my lord. This is the matter relating to selection of an Anganwadi helper. On 13/6/2023, notification was issued for Sano Muslim Sahi Anganwadi Center area for the post of Anganwadi helper, my lord. Thereafter,
Bhadrak, District Bhadrak.
District Bhadrak. On 12/7/2013, Mahila Sabha was held, my lord. Thereafter, Mahila Sabha recommended the case, the name of the petitioner for Anganwadi helper. On 5/8/2013, petitioner was selected as an Anganwadi helper of that Anganwadi center area.
Okay.
Thereafter, on 30/8/2013, opposite part number 3, approached the sub-collector, file an appeal before the sub-collector challenging my selection. Sub-collector set aside my selection, my lord. I challenge before your lordship that order. And this honorable court.
What is the ground for challenge?
The ground of challenge. Ground.
Sub-collector is not the competent authority to set aside.
My lord. But without jurisdiction, my lord, set aside my
helper sub-collector can I get? Or helper sub-collector can.
Thereafter,
supervisor ADM.
Anganwadi worker. ADM is
sorry,
the
I'm
competent.
sorry. Worker.
Worker, ADM is the competent.
So what is the problem? That the sub-collector is right to pass order.
I have challenged before your sub-collector's order. Thereafter, this honorable
What is
court.
wrong in this order?
Though I have Mahila Sabha was as per guideline, Mahila Sabha was recommended my name, my lord. But the opposite part number 3, she has not applied for that post. Also, she filed an appeal before the sub-collector, and sub-collector allowed her application, my lord. Set aside my
Why did you set
engagement.
aside your order?
Your lordship kindly see.
Setting aside order ta set aside.
16/9/2014. Page 14, Annexure 5.
What is the ground?
Ground, my lord, page 16, last portion, my lord. Gone through the Mahila Sabha proceeding and office record produced by the parties and CDPO Basdepur proceedings of the Mahila Sabha dated 12/7/2013 is that the CDPO was absent in the said Sabha. Secondly, no opinion of Mahila Sabha has been taken by the selection committee as to whom the committee wants to select from 4 candidates applied for the post of Anganwadi helper, including appellant respond number 2. Simply, the lady supervisor informed the candidates to attend the ICDS
They properly not done. That's why they are they are not done properly. Madam, as per guideline, the selection process was not conducted as per guideline.
Selection was done, my lord. They have
selection. ये आधा पंतरिया selection. Selection full page है ना, वो यदि
they have done selection.
पहला कर देले एमडी हुई. Selection पूरा proper way रे हवा ना, guideline हिसाब रे हवा.
Lordship kindly see this honorable
कौन
court.
लगा simply lady supervisor inform the candidates to attend ICDS office for selection.
But at that time,
currently no paper has been produced by any of the parties.
May paper CDPO has to produce that paper, my lord.
But here it is
Here,
not
C has
properly.
not, C has not produced that
Why
paper.
should the sub collector will be prejudiced against one party or something?
C has
He
not produced
found
that
something.
document. C has not produced. And on 27, 2000,
So the candidate who has been selected is in the second selection and the same selection.
may I submit?
Conducted and the four candidates who are in the list, they have been directed to appeal for the CDPO for verification of the document. Nothing has explained how the CDPO has appointed RI.
On 20, you
Do
know,
one thing, let's have a fresh.
may I kindly hear me for a moment, my lord.
I'm hearing now. What am I doing then?
27, 27/10/2014, this honorable court has stated that
this honorable court कौन कला छाड़न तो से ground level पे कौन ला
तापरे
ये हमें सुनिया पे just दो पार्टी स्टेट दे दिलु कौन बोलेगा
मैं submit
आपण मागिले स्टे हमें दे दिलु कौन
अच्छा तापरे वो
तो
भर्ती
सेटा कौन आपण बात राइट स्टे पाइबाटा
मो टिके
अदा
कहिते
स्टे पहले पहले सुनिया पे किसी दिन पे राइट जिनस कौन जानिया पे गोटे डिस्टेबलाइज काई आपण करा हो स्टेट
मो टिके may I?
Yes,
by virtue of interim order, petitioner is continuing. Thereafter, she was not allowed.
Since when? Continuing since when?
Since since 5/8/2013 ରୁ ମୁଁ continue କରିଥିଲି. Thereafter, they did not allow me.
ଆପଣ କେବେ କାଢିଲେ ସେମାନେ?
ବାହାର କଲେ 2017 ରେ. ମାନେ they did not allow.
After 4 years.
After 4 years.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର
ଏବେ advertisement issue କରିଛନ୍ତି fresh advertisement. That is my
participate କରନ୍ତୁ।
sir ମୋର over age ହେଇଗଲାଣି ମୁଁ participant
ମୁଁ ତ allow କରିବି ଆପଣ over age କରିବେ ଆପଣ କେତେ age ହେଇଛି?
ମତେ +2 qualification
କେତେ age ହେଇଛି?
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ +2 qualification ସେତେବେଳେ ମୋର 5th pass ଥିଲା ଏବେ +2 qualification ମୋର I am not eligible now ଆଉ ହବନି now I am over age and +2 qualification
କେତେ age ହେଉଛି ତାକୁ?
age 41 ମୋ
41 ଏବେ ତ ଅଣ୍ଟା ଲାଗିଲେ ଅଣ୍ଟା ଭାଙ୍ଗିଯିବ କେତେବେଳେ କାମ କରିପାରିବନି ସେ
କରିପାରିବ
ୟଙ୍ଗ ଲୋକମାନେ ବେଟର କାମ କରିବ 40 ପ୍ଲସ୍ ହେଲା ପରେ ଦେବା କଥା ନା ଯାଅ ଏଇଟା ତ ପୁରା ଇଏ କାମ ନା ଭାତ ଗାଳିବ ଲଇକି ଇଏ କରିବ ବେଶୀ ବେଶୀ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ରିକ୍ୱାର୍ସ ମୋର ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେନ୍ଥ 40 ପରେ strength କମି କମି ଯିବ
violating your lordship's order they have issued a fresh advertisement my lord
where is the order
your lordship can state 14/10/2014 in my mess page 7 operating portion 27/10/2014 my lord
page 7
page 7 of my IA number 19063
oh IA रे लगै छ
आपन पर थिबो Miss case number 17768 of 2014. There shall be interim stay of operation of order dated 16/9/2014 passed by sub collector Bhadrak in Anganwadi number so and so.
Till the next date. Where is the next date? Chalichi.
Interim order was asini tapare.
Sir, question is not yet held. There is a stay. When there is stay was operating, how could you issue press election? Advertisement, press advertisement. Sir, it is there. Stay is continuing there. What is this? Stay is there. अच्छा ये पर stay continue कर
continue कर अब तो list है नहीं
listen
15/7 पर अब है नहीं list lord seconds 15/7/2015 पर अब list है नहीं up to 2017 I was allowed to continue
just 15/7 ना she is right interim order तो continue कर ची आपण interim order थाई केमती आपण issue कर दिली there is interim order tell your CDP why he has issued no advertisement when interim order was there at the time no I'm not disposing I want to know why this CDPO has issued fresh advertisement when interim order was there the CDPO Basudepur to answer as to why he issued the fresh advertisement when the interim order was passed by this court on
27/10/2014.
27/10/2014, which was not vacated by any subsequent order. This is the matter on January 4th, Ras.
Till then, my lord, I may.
Of course, till then you should continue.
Until
Till the interim order to continue.
advertisement stay न कले ସେମାନେ fresh
Stop कर दो ताको.
My lord.
हाँ. Interim order to continue, and till then there shall not be any the advertisement कितने number हटा करो.
Advertisement dated 9/11/2023 under Annexure 2 of my IA. My lord.
Dated 9/11/2023 under Annexure 2 shall not be given effect to. Hala.
And I may be allowed to continue. They did not allow me to discharge.
Further, the CDPO is directed to. अबे की कर सकते continue that.
नहीं क्या ही continue करना था.
In the next case, man.
CDPO अपन next case कौन भाई?
Next case.
अपन को कहाँ पाएंगे?
I have challenged the sub-collector's order.
अपन भी same in the same footing.
ଆମେ 4 ଜଣ ଥିଲୁ ତାଙ୍କ 6 ଜଣ ମୁଁ ଜଣେ ମୁଁ ନା ବି ପଲ୍ଲୀ ସଭା ସରି ମହିଳା ସଭା
ଆଉ ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ order
I may be allowed to continue. Well.
हाँ yes.
If
The petitioner is directed to. The CDPO is directed to allow the petitioner to continue.
My some contention is.
रोहन तो अपन ठीक से continue करथाउ तापर देखते अपन.
They did not allow me.
देखो पैसे दो नांती के नहीं करियो. Let her continue. She is selected anyway. Selected rightly, wrongly, whatever. She let her continue. Let her continue.
Director allow me continue. Well.
Yes, yes.
Urgent short.
कौन कोई लिया था बुझी
मैं बुझी पाले.
Directed to the CDPO is directed to allow the present petitioner to continue in the same post.
My lord.
Okay.
Oblige, my
Till
lord.
the next, till the finalization of this, till the conclusion of this case.
My lord, oblige. Urgent short.
Item 40.
Next case.
Same कर दो. से petitioner से लगी बनी है. सेटा कर दो. बोलने तो लिखे दो. Next 40.
I may please your lords.
40.
I may please your lordship. The petitioner challenging the order of opposite party number 1, rejecting the holding that the appellant reportedly submitted the residence certificate to the sub collector Borgad on the with the instead of submission of to the CDPO.
What is the problem, sir?
Problem is that, my lord, my though they received though petitioner submitted all the document on the last date.
High scorer किए?
मु
आपण
आगे
खाली आपनकर प्रॉब्लम कोन हला सर्टिफिकेट
डॉक्यूमेंट मु देई पालेनी बोली कि ताकर
केबे देले
मु ऑन द सेम डे मु सबमिट करली
सेम डे
माने ऑन द क्लोजिंग डे 7/9/2015
लास्ट डेट ऑफ
लास्ट डेट हां
देले आपण
हां
तापरे
देला परे कंपैरेटिव
वेरिफिकेशन पे गले
हां कंपैरेटिव लिस्ट भी बाहरला ए सॉरी वेरिफिकेशन हला परे रिजेक्शन लिस्ट प्लस मेरिट लिस्ट भी बाहरला रिजेक्शन लिस्ट मोर ना नाही ये लिस्ट ना अछि मेरिट लिस्ट ना अछि किंतु तार दे दिन पर कंपैरेटिव लिस्ट चल बाहरला
लिस्ट ना अछि माने मेरिट लिस्ट केते नंबर ना अछि सेटा इंपोर्टेंट
नहीं नहीं आज मेरिट
अरे सर मेरिट लिस्ट रे केते नंबर रे
मोर अछि 8 सीरियल रे
8 नंबर थाइ के आपण एते नउछन
आज्ञा नहीं नहीं मु
थाइ के फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड के और अछन दिलो
नहीं फर्स्ट सेकंड तो से माने ये को सेमति सी ये रे करना मेरिट रे करना
एंटी करना
ना I am the meritorious student
of all the categories. Give me, show me that comparative chart.
Comparative chart at page 28, annexure 5.
What is your name?
Suhasini Luha.
Suhasini
Luha. At serial number 8.
Serial number 8. So you have secured the highest mark.
Yes.
No. In matriculation, not highest mark.
नहीं total दिखाइए.
Total 73 point.
Total दिखाइए.
And ex-regular student.
How does it matter?
No, that is true.
पास
but-
तो पास रेगुलर हो कि रेगुलर हो ସେଥିରେ ଲେଖୁନି ତ एक्स रेगुलर कम मार्क पाइबे बोली सही मार्क पाइबे ସେମାନେ भी so he is the high scorer
ସେଥିରେ ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ଯେ incomplete resident caste certificate submitted on 8-9 ଲେଖିଦେଲେ
All have incomplete residence and caste certificate submitted so
सर आपण देखंतु जागो सिलेक्शन करिवार थिबा तार इनकम्प्लीट थिले भी ताकु पछ कर गळेस कि पार कर दिसि जाहागो देवार नथिबा वाला से इनकम्प्लीट हला ये हला से हला
से ता परे देइचंती
automated ପରେ ସେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
केबे आपण दैछथि सर
on the same day on the cut of day से 7-9-2015
after
आज्ञा
ଦେଇछथि कोन प्रूफ अछि
नहीं सेटा after verification registration list was published my name is not there आज्ञा
आपण ଦେଇछथि डॉक्यूमेंट ଦେଇଥିଲେ बोली कोन प्रूफ अछि
डॉक्यूमेंट ଦେଇଥିଲେ ବୋଲି ସେମିତି କିଛି प्रोब्लेम
केन जानिबे आपण ଦେଇछथि बोली
they publish merit list my lord
no merit list publish
after नहीं ଦେଇଛି ବୋଲି
से मेरिट लिस्ट दे मेरिट लिस्ट देखले
merit list 27 page 27 my lord
वन तो ठीक है
answer 4
नहीं तारो पेज
annexer 4
answer 4 or 27 of the petition
petitioner let him show that केते नंबर कहले
answer 4 page 27 my lord running to
हां
serial number 8 my lord
रेसिडेंशियल सर्टिफिकेट
दिरे योग्य विवेचित प्राथमिक तालिका ऊपर हेडिंग रे अछि
तो रेसिडेंशियल सर्टिफिकेट नथिला योग्य विवेचित केने कहले त
हां
No, my lord, it is a mistake, inadvertent mistake.
मिस्टेक कर के जहा डॉक्यूमेंट जे देखिबे ना से केने मिस्टेक जानला 73.5% मार्क हला से अधिक मार्क पाइछि आ सेकंड हला से तार ये लिस्ट रे मेरिट लिस्ट ता ना अछि
आगे
जदी
मेरिट लिस्ट
कम टू पेज 27
your lordship में
सर कम टू पेज 27
पेज 17 your lordship में
एटा लिखा हला शिशु विकास अंतर्गत अंगनवाड़ी प्राथमिक प्राथमिक तालिका
जो
तालिका गोटे मेरिट लिस्ट
ना ना
जे जे अप्लाई करले तांगर दिया गला
ऊपर लिखा योग्य विवेचित प्रार्थी नहीं जदी सेमते इतना ताल रिजेक्शन लिस्ट भी भाना थांदा
कोडी लिखि जे योग्य विवेचित
ऊपर को लिखि छी
कोडी
मैं 20 पेज 27 रे ऊपर को लिखि छी हेडिंग टा योग्य विवेचित
कोडी सर योग्य मु देखि पारुनी
आवेदन करिथिबा
ऊपर
योग्य विवेचित आपण निजे जोडी दुछन
नहीं ऊपर लाइन
कोन लिखा जी शिशु विकास योजना अंतर्भुक्त अंगनवाड़ी केंद्र अंगनवाड़ी पदवी पाई आवेदन करिथिबा प्रार्थीनिक
तालिका
बस हाई बस
आवेदन करथिबा मेरिट लिस्ट हां भलो
नहीं
इलेक्शन पे दिया एटा
एडी योग्य विवेचित प्रार्थी तालिका
देखौतले कोडा डॉक्यूमेंट नाही बोली
come to
annexer B by 3 yeah
on the last dates he has submitted this undertaking
कोड लिखा है जी
undertaking page 9 B by 2
I so do you ever undertake to produce केबे देले आपण 7 तो अंडरटेकिंग देले और सबमिट देले सर
सेही समय रे मु
डोंट कंफ्यूज मी
नॉट आई एम नॉट मिसलीडिंग माय लॉर्ड आई एम नॉट मिसलीडिंग दिस ऑनरेबल कोर्ट माय लॉर्ड
7 आपण देखंतु पेज कम टू B3 मो कथा सुनिबे
आगे
ए डॉक्यूमेंट देखंतु 7 नॉट 2005 रे आपण देले जे मु जो कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट कोन छडा
अंडरटेकिंग
रेसिडेंट एंड कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट सून आफ्टर ऑब्टेन तहसीलदार देले आपण एक्चुअली केबे आपण कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट देखले होते फर्स्ट
हां
पेज 25 देखो 8-9-2015
सेम डे रे मु
रोहन सर आप मते कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट देखा सेम डे को दिन
रेसिडेंट सर्टिफिकेट 7-9-2015
8-9 रेसिडेंशियल सर्टिफिकेट पाइछि 7-9 बट सबमिशन ही 8-9
सबमिशन डेट वेरिफिकेशन आ गया
नहीं
वेरिफिकेशन आ गया 8-9 रे वेरिफिकेशन हला
ना ना 7-9
नहीं कहली केमती हो 8-9 रे तार वेरिफिकेशन डेट अछि
आपण को
मतलब आपनकर
वेरिफिकेशन सेम ये रही
it was
8 रे
it was granted on 7/9/15
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ତଳକୁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଡେଟ୍ ଅଛି 11/9/2015
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ କେବେ ଥିଲା 7
7 ହଁ
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କେବେ ହେଇଛି 11
8 ରେ ଭେରିଫିକେସନ ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି ସମସ୍ତେ ସିଗ୍ନେଚର କରି 8 ତାରିଖ ପକେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଆରେ
ସମସ୍ତେ
ସାର୍ 11 ଯୋଉଟା ସିଗ୍ନେଚର ତଳେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି 11 ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି
କୋଉଠି
ତଳେ ତଳେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ କୁ
ପେଜ 25
ରେଭିନ୍ୟୁ ଇନ୍ସପେକ୍ଟର ସିଗ୍ନେଚର ତଳେ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି 11/9 ଲେଖା ହେଇନି
7 ନ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
ମୋର ଆଖି ତ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କର ମୋ ଆଖି ଏତେ ଖରାପ ନାହିଁ
ରେସିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ମାନେ ଡେଟ୍
ତଳକୁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସିଗ୍ନେଚର ଅଫ ରେଭିନ୍ୟୁ ଅଫିସର 11/9 ରେଭିନ୍ୟୁ ଅଫିସର ଥିଲେ ଆଗ ଇଏ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ହେଲା ପରେ ସିଗ୍ନେଚର ଦେଲା 7 ରେ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରିଦେଲା 11 ରେ ସାଇନ୍ ମାଇଲା
ନାଇଁ
ହବନି
ନାଇଁ 7
ପୁଣି ଏଟା
7 ନ ହାଇଲାଇଟ୍ ହେଇଛି
ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ କେମିତି ଆଇଲା ଏମିତି
ପେଜ
ଗଭର୍ନମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଓଡିଶା resident certificate this is
ଆଜ୍ଞା
to certify that so ନିରୁପମା ସାହୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନିରୁପମା ସାହୁ
ନା ନା ନା
ନା
ସେଟା
ନା
ହଉଛି
ସେ
ନିରୁପମା।
ନିରୁପମା ସାହୁର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍
ଏଟା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
ନିରୁପମା ସାହୁର ସେଟା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଆନେସ୍ କରୁଛୁ ଯେହେତୁ ଇଲିଗାଲିଟି ଲାଗି
ଓ
ସିଏ ଅଣ୍ଡରଟେକିଂ ଯୋଉ ଦେଲା ତା ବାଦ ସେ 11/9 ରେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ତା ନାଁଟା ମେରିଟ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ଲିଷ୍ଟରେ ଅଛି କମ୍ପିଟିଟିଭ ଲିଷ୍ଟରେ
where is your
Page
ପେଜ
25.
25
I think this ନିରୁପମା ସାହୁ ଆପଣ ଅଲଗା ଲୋକଟା କାଇଁ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ
ମାନେ there are the authorities committed gross mistake
ଦେଖାଯିବ
and also illegality matter
7/9 ହେଲା ଯେ ଆପଣ ଦେଲେ କେବେ
ମୁଁ ସେଇଦିନ ଦେଲି ପ୍ରଥମେ ମୁଁ ମୋର ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ସବୁ ସବମିଟ କରିଦେଲି ୱିଥ୍ ଅଣ୍ଡରଟେକିଂ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମୁଁ ଇମିଡିଏଟଲି ପାଇଲେ ଦେଇଦେବି ବୋଲି ତାପରେ ସେଇଦିନ
କିଏ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏବେ ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ପାର୍ଟି ନମ୍ବର 5 4 ନା 5
କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି
ସେ ଇମିଡିଏଟ ତ
15
2015 ଆଜ୍ଞା
let her continue
ତା-
ଆଉ ଏବେ ଆଉ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମୋର କେସ୍ ତ ମୋର ତ ମୁଁ ତ ଇମିଡିଏଟ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି
କିଛି କେସ୍ ନାହିଁ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ 2015 ତ ମୁଁ ଇମିଡିଏଟ
ଆପଣ
ଅପିଲ କୁ
ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
ଗଲି
ଗଲା
ଅପିଲ ହେଲା କୋର୍ଟରେ ଡିଲେ ହେଲା
ସେମିତି ବି ଇକ୍ୱିଟି ଇନ୍ ଆवर ଫେଭର ସେ 15 ବର୍ଷ ଜଣେ କାମ କଲାଣି ଏବେ ତାକୁ କାଢିବେ ଠିକ ନୁହେଁ ଆପଣ
ସେମିତି ସବୁଥିରେ କାମ ଲମ୍ବା କରିବ
ସାର୍
ମୁଁ
ଆପଣ ତ ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ ଅଛି
ମୋର ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ ନାହିଁ
ଅର୍ଡର ରିଜର୍ଭ
ମୁଁ ତ
ଓକେ ଅର୍ଡର ରିଜର୍ଭ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 41.
Your lordship's, for your lordship's convenience, I have prepared a note.
please give that ସେ ନୋଟ ଟା ବି ଦିଅ ଏତେ ବାନ୍ଧି ଦେବାରେ
ମତେ ସପ୍ତାହ ସମୟ ଦିଆଯାଉ ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେବି ନୋଟ
ଆଉ ସମୟ ଦେବିନି ଆପଣ ଆଗ ଦେବାର ଥିଲା ଦେଇଦେବେ ଆଉ ସମୟ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ସମୟ
only only next week mail
no
I will submit
ଗୋଟେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର
written note mail
ଆଉ ଆପଣ ବାୟ ମଣ୍ଡେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା ମଣ୍ଡେ
obligement
next
May I
Item
please, Your Lordship?
41.
But here 2 writ applications are there and 1 contempt application is there. In first writ application, my lord, pleadings are complete. Second writ application, my lord, state has not filed the counter.
you file the counter state
Yes.
ରେ କଣ matter ଟା କଣ
Matter, my lord, the construction of Anganwadi house. Over a gochar land, even if status code is there, they have converted it into Patita and they are saying now they have converted into Patita.
ଆପଣ କିଏ
We are the villagers, my lord.
ଆପଣ we are ଜଣା କରୁଛି we କେମିତି ହେଲେ
No, my lord. 5% up.
ଆପଣ ତ I am the villager କୁହନ୍ତୁ
No, we are the villagers.
କାଇଁ କୋଉଠି ଆଉ ଲୋକ କାଇଁ
But 1, 2, 3, 4, my lord, 4 writ petitioners.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆମ ପିଲା ଗୁଡା ଯିବେ ପୁରା ଗୋଟେ 11 ଏକର କେତେ 4 ଗୋଚର ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଅଛି ତା ଚାରିପଟେ ପୋଖରୀ କାଦୁଅ ଗୁଡା ପିଲା ପଶିବେ ତ ଭିତରୁ ପଶିଯିବେ
ତ ଗାଁ ଭିତରେ ଜାଗା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଗାଁ ଭିତରେ ଜାଗା ଆନେକ୍ସର 2 ଅଛି ଆନେକ୍ସର କଣ ହେଇଛି କି
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆପଣ ଯେତେ ଯୋଉ ଲୋକମାନେ ଏଠିକି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଘର ବାଡିଆଡେ ଜାଗା
ଆନେକ୍ସର 2 ଟା ଅଛି ମୁଁ କହିବି ସ୍ୱତନ୍ତ୍ର ଆନେକ୍ସର 2 ଇଜ अवेलेबल योर लॉर्डशिप में काइंडली सी
କେତେ ଜାଗା ହେବ
ଆନେକ୍ସର ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ 6 ଡେସିମିଲ୍ସ ଅଫ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ଘରଟା ମାତ୍ର 2 ଡେସିମିଲ୍ ରହୁଛି ଆଚ୍ଛା ସେଇଟା ବି ଏଡୁକେସନ ପର୍ପସ ପାଇଁ ରିଜର୍ଭ ଅଛି ସେମାନେ କଣ କଲେ ଚାଲାକ କରିକି ଯେହେତୁ ଗୋଟେ ପଲିଟିକାଲ ଇଏ ଅଛି ସେମାନେ କଣ କଲେ ସେ ଜାଗାଟାକୁ ପୁଣି କମ୍ୟୁନିଟି ସେଣ୍ଟର କରିବା ପାଇଁ ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲେ ପୁଣି ଆଇ କେମ୍ ବିଫୋର ଦିସ୍ ଅନରେବଲ କୋର୍ଟ this honorable court observed whenever it is meant for Anganwadi center why you have you will be allowed to do the community center so that was also state
so Anganwadi
that was also state
Your lordship directed my lord senior to take instructions that to take instructions as to whether any of the villagers is ready and willing to provide a land generously.
Yes,
That
ଆପଣ
time
generosity
serious
ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
My
ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ generosity ଟିକେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଏତେ ଲୋକ ଆସିଲେ
ଆମ
କୋର୍ଟକୁ
ପାଖରେ
ଆସିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି
ଆମ
generosity
ପାଖରେ
ଦେଖି ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ଜମି
ଗାଁ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ
ନା,
ଏତେ
ନା,
ଦରଦ ଅଛି ତ ଆପଣ ଜାଗାଟିକୁ ଦେଲେ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା
suitable
ଅଛି?
ନୁହେଁ ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ଇଏ କରିବା
ସାର୍,
ପାଇଁ। ଆମ ପାଖରେ
ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି
ଯୋଉ
ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ,
ଜମି
ଆପଣ-
ଅଛି
ଆପଣ
ଘର ଡିହ ତ ନାହିଁ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ଜମି ଅଛି ସେ ଜମିରେ ହେଇପାରିବନି ସେଟା ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଆଇ ହ୍ୟାଡ୍ ଟେକେନ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ୟୁ ଲର୍ଡସିପ ଇଫ୍ ୟୁ ଲର୍ଡସିପ ୱିଲ୍ ବି ପ୍ଲିଜଡ୍ ଏନଫ୍ ଟୁ ସେ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ଜମି ଅଛି ଘର ଗାଁଟା ନା ପୁରା
ଗାଁରେ ତ ଆମର ଥିବ ଜାଗା ଫାଗା
ନା
ବାଡ଼ି
ଯଦି
ବାଡ଼ି ଆଡ଼େ ଥିବ।
ଥାନ୍ତା ଆମ ପିଲା ଆମ ଲୋକ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତେ ଟିକେ ବି ଇଏ କରନ୍ତେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆନେକ୍ସର 2 ଟା ପୁରା ଅଛି ହବା ପାଇଁ ଏଡୁକେସନ ପର୍ପସ୍
ତ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ ଆପଣ
exactly for that I have said they have said that they have it has been de-resolved.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ଜାଗାଟା ପାଇଁ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ଅଛି?
Annexure 2
ଏଇ
ଟା
ଯୋଉ ଜାଗାଟା ଯୋଉ Annexure 2 ରେ ଯୋଉ ଜାଗା ପାଇଁ ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ?
ସେଟା ଏଇଟା ଯୋଉ instruction ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତହସିଲଦାର ସେଟା ବି ଆପଣ ଦେଇଥିଲି କପିଟା
କୋଉ ଗାଁ ଏଟା କୋଉ ଗାଁ
ଆପଣ ଏଇ କପିଟା ଦେଇଥିଲେ
କୋଉ ଗାଁ ମିଷ୍ଟର ମହାପାତ୍ର କୋଉ ଗାଁଟା?
এটা কণাস তহସିল খুঁটিয়া
କୋଉଠି ସେଟା?
এটা কণাস অন্ডর
ডিস্ট্রিক্টটা কোন?
ডিস্ট্রিক্ট পুরী ইউরোডস
পুরী সে তো কହୁଥିଲି।
ওনলি পলিটিকাল ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଯେ ମୋର ଏଠି କରିବ ସେଠି କରିବ ଏକ୍ଜାକ୍ଟଲି ସେ ଡିସ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ୍
ସେଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଥିଲି ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଏତେ ଜେନେରସଲି କିଛି ଜାଗା ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଆମର
ଏବେ
ଘର
ଯିଏ
ଡିହ
କୋର୍ଟକୁ
ନାହିଁ
ଆଇବ ଏମିତି ଜାଗା ହେଇବେ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଆଗ ଜାଗା ମାଗିବି ଆଙ୍ଗର ଜାଗା କୋଉଠି ଫାଇଣ୍ଡ ଆଉଟ୍ କରି କେତେ କେତେ ଜାଗା ଅଛି।
ଏକଦମ 100% your lordship is absolutely
କାହିଁକିନା ବହୁତ
correct
ଲୋକ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଛି ଜାଗା ନିଜର ଥିବ ସେମାନେ ସବୁ ଡିକ୍ଟେଟ୍ କରିବେ ନିଜେ ଜାଗା ଦେବେନି ମାଗିଲେ ବି ଦିଅନ୍ତି। ମୁଁ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଆଇ ଗିଭିଂ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଁରେ ସ୍କୁଲ ପାଇଁ ଜାଗା ଖୋଜା ହେଲା କିଏ ଦବ ସ୍କୁଲର ଜାଗା କିଏ ଦେବାକୁ ରାଜି ହେଲେନି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଁକୁ ସେ ସ୍କୁଲ ପଳେଇଲା ହେଲା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଁ ପାଖ ଗାଁ ବାଲା ସେଠିକା ଲୋକ ଗଲା ମୁଁ ଦେବି ଜାଗା ବନ ସେଠି ବନେଇଦେଲେ ସ୍କୁଲ ଏଇ ଗାଁ ପିଲାମାନେ ସେ ସ୍କୁଲକୁ ଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି ସେଠିକି ଗଲେ ଦେନ୍ ସେଇ ଗାଁର ସେ ଲୋକ ଯିଏ ଜାଗା ନ ଦଉଥିଲା ସେ ଲୋକ ପୁଣି କେସ୍ ହେଲା ଏଇ ଗାଁକୁ ସ୍କୁଲ କାହିଁ ପଳେଇଲା କେସ୍ କରି ଆଇଲା ତୁ ଜାଗା ଦେଲୁନି ଏମିତି ସବୁ ଅଛନ୍ତି
ଏଠି ଜାଗା ଏମାନଙ୍କର ଅଛି କିନ୍ତୁ
ଜାଗା ଅଛି
ସବୁ
ଆପଣ
ଅଛି
ପାଖରେ
agriculture,
ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି
କିନ୍ତୁ ହୋମଷ୍ଟେଡ ନାହିଁ ଯୋଉଟା କି ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ସେଣ୍ଟର ହେଇପାରିବ ସେଟା ହେଲା ମୁଁ
ସେଟା
ପଚାରୁଥିଲି
କନଭର୍ଟ କରି ଦିଆଯିବ ତହସିଲଦାର ହାତରେ ସେଟା
ମାନେ ଟୁ ରିଟ୍ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଦେୟାର ବିଫୋର
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ସତରେ ଜାଗା ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଇଏ ଗାଁ ପାଖରେ କୌଣସି ହୋମଷ୍ଟେଡ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ଫାଇଲ
ଫାଇଲ କଲେ
ଇଏ
ସମସ୍ତେ
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 ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବା
ଆଜ୍ଞା 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 ଦେଖ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଡେଫିନେଟଲି ଯଦି ଅଛି ତେବେ ୟୋର ଲର୍ଡସିପ ଟେକ୍
ଯଦି
ଆପ୍ରୋପ୍ରିଏଟ
ଅଛି ବୋଲେ ଆପଣ ଦେଇଦେବେ
ଡେଫିନେଟଲି ୟୋର ଲର୍ଡସିପ ଇଜ ଆବସଲ୍ୟୁଟ ମୁଁ ଆମେ ଫାଇଲ କରିବୁ
ଆଚ୍ଛା
କିନ୍ତୁ
ତାପରେ
ଇନଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ ହ୍ୱାଟ ହାଜ ହ୍ୟାପେନ୍ ଆନେକ୍ସର
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଗାଁରେ ଯଦି ଅଛି ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ପିଲା ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଅଛି
ଛୋଟ
ଜାଗାଟା
ପିଲାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଏକ୍ଜାକ୍ଟଲି
ଜାଗା ଅଛି ଆପଣ ସେଠି ଅଲଗା ଜିନିଷ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କାହିଁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି
ପୁଣି କାଦୁଆ ଜାଗାଟା ପୁରା ମାଟି
ସେଠି ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଲାଷ୍ଟ
ନା ସେ କହନ୍ତି ଡି ରିଜର୍ଭ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେଲି ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ ଅର୍ଡର ଇଜ ଦେୟାର ପାସ୍ଡ ବାଇ ଦିସ୍ ଅନରେବଲ କୋର୍ଟ
ଡି ରିଜର୍ଭ କଣ
ଆଉ ସେମାନେ କେମିତି ଡି ରିଜର୍ଭ କରିଦେବେ ପତିତକୁ ମାତ୍ର 4 ଡେସିମିଲ୍ ଜାଗା ହଁ ଗୋଟେ 11 ଏକର କରିଥାନ୍ତେ ଚାରିଆଡେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ପୋଖରୀ ପୁରା କାଦୁଆ ଜମିଟା ପିଲା ଗଲେ ପଶିଯିବେ ତା ଭିତରେ
କମ୍ୟୁନିଟି ସେଣ୍ଟର ପାର୍ଟ ଲେଭେଲ ତିଆରି ହେଇଯାଇଛି ସେଠି
ନା ହେଇନି ସେଠି ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ କହିଛି ପୁରା ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ରିଟ୍ ରେ ଆଇ ହ୍ୟାଡ୍ କମ୍ ବିଫୋର ଲର୍ଡସିପ ଇନ୍ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ରିଟ୍ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜିଂ whenever it is meant for
ବିଫୋର মি
before your lordship
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଲଗାନ୍ତୁ
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ରିଟ୍ ଟା ଅଛି ପୁରା
ଆଜି ବି ଅଛି
ଅଛି ସେଠି
ସବୁ ଖତମ କର
That was also status
ଏତେ କଥା ଯାଅ ସେଠି ଘର ବନା ଯଦି କମ୍ୟୁନିଟି ସେଣ୍ଟର ଛାଡ ଡି ରିଜର୍ଭ ଛାଡ ସବୁ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଶୁଣିବି ଦେଖ as per the report of Tahsildar Kanas it is submitted that the land proposed for the petitioner which is close to the road proposed by the petitioner which is close to the road. However, a big pond is located in front of the said plot. Plot number 998 of 11/1133 এটা হচ্ছে আপনাদের যেটা কହୁଛନ୍ତି আপনি
আগে
এই প্লটটা তো
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି
998/1133 এটা তো
ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି
କିସମ ଘରବାରି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
এই ପ୍ଲଟରେ ଆପଣ ହେବା ପାଇଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତ
338 annexure 2 and
Sir,
plot number
ମୋର କଥା
998/1 yes your lordship yes your
এই কথা
lordship
তো
yes your lordship 1133
and plot 998/1133 Kisam Gharbari, where a community center has been partly constructed over the land schedule. There is no sufficient vacant space for the construction of AWC. Full stop. Since this court has passed an interim order of stay against any kind of construction in that in repetition number कितने
मतलब read petition number your lordships 10,604 of 2018.
10,604 of 2018. Seeking what?
Seeking मतलब not to raise construction over that land.
Not to raise construction over the said plot has already been stated by this court. Hence, the plot number 998/1133 which is in the middle of the village and pertaining to Kisam Gharwari is suitable enough for the Anganwadi center, which is and for the betterment of the children of the village. In such view of the matter, the community center can be constructed elsewhere, and the Anganwadi center, let the Anganwadi center be constructed over the plot number 998 of 1133. Accordingly disposal.
Deeply.
All disposal. छोटा प्लॉट पे कितने टोना होता
Deeply.
Next.
Item 42. Lordship, in item 42, you are supposed to produce the sole living certificate. She has applied for the same, but till now she had not procured the certificate. So some time maybe.
What is the issue?
My lord, Anganwadi selection. Challenging the advertisement. On last date, it was ordered that for the age verification, school living certificate is necessary.
Anganwadi worker पे
Helper man.
Helper.
helper पे SLC school living certificate.
OP number 5 has been selected. Worked 4 months.
कहते सर 4 मास कर चुके ना. अच्छा. के better candidate need everything. Voting. कार vote देगा.
More of it.
दहला अपना कंटिन्यू करो तो कहाँ पे आया?
She filed the Aadhaar card to prove the
आधार
age.
कार्ड
हाँ.
बेटा बात ही not correct.
School living certificate produce करिए.
School living certificate कौन दो?
से applied कुछ किन
करो तो अगले chances देगा.
Till that time.
You continue not. Nobody can stop. 10th January. Okay, next.
मतलब till that time may allow.
Sir, you continue, sir. Okay. The अपना अबे continue कर चुके ना?
No.
ओ नांती.
No.
आप किंदी continue करिए थे? काले भी. That is finally decided आपन favor है ला करिए ना नहीं?
Short date man.
Short date.
Last segment.
January चार छुट्टी जो तो January मास. Next.
43.
I may please your lordship.
43.
I may please your lordship. Now here the selection of the petitioner as Anganwadi helper has been reversed by the sub-collector in appeal. The
Who is the highest scorer?
highest
I am
scorer-
Agadiga.
well, I was having the highest number of vote.
Vote?
Vote in the Mahila Sabha.
अपना helper की?
Helper है.
Oh, highest number of vote.
Highest number of vote पाई.
Opposite party कितने पाई थी?
Opposite party number less number of votes पाइला.
अपना selected ही थे.
ମୁଁ select ହେଲି 2 ବର୍ଷ କାମ କଲି.
तो सब collector ताको vote देला.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ 2 ବର୍ଷ continuous ତାକୁ କହିଲା ଯେ ସେ priority ତାକୁ କାହିଁକି ଦେଲେନି because she is a widow.
ଆପଣ widow ନୁହଁ.
ମୁଁ widow ନୁହଁ. well ସେଇଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା settled law ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି
Guideline କହୁଛି priority ବୋଲି ତ ଦେଖେ.
settled law ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯଦି ସିନା same equal footing stand କରିବୁ.
Settled law କଣ? ଯଦି widow ଥିବେ widow को scope ଦିଆଯିବ. ଆପଣ ବି widow କି?
ନା ମୁଁ widow ନୁହଁ.
ତା फिर
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଠିକ
same
order ଠିକ
footing ଥାନ୍ତୁ equal number of votes.
ଏ ସବୁ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ.
ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀ କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି ସିଧି
widow ବେଳା
ଟିକେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ସେଇଟାକୁ ଆଣିଛି ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି କେସରେ ଏଇଟା ହିଁ
କୋଉଠି?
coordinated bench judgment of this honorable court. para 12 para 12 टाକୁ ମୁଁ place କରୁ. It is settled that preference cannot be equated with the benefit of reservation. Even in the matter of extending benefit of reservation to the members of backward communities, candidate belonging to other backward community, the candidates have to show that he is not in the creamy layer. In this context, judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of
creamy layer is something different. What are
applying
you
the
saying?
same
Creamy layer
see, applying the same principle.
No peaceful.
Applying
Creamy layer
this-
peaceful you have any.
Lordship, kindly have a
Sir,
glass.
এটা একটা welfare ये पे scheme तो ऐसे creamy layer
preference
बिल्कुल wrong. সেই judgment paragraph টা wrong সেটা এটি applicable হবনি
আগে তাহলে paragraph 13 টা দেখুন
বিলকুল নয় ମୁଁ দেখি সারছি
the settled position of law that
settled
preference
position
can
of law
only be
that
given
we
when
must
candidates are on similar footing. Here he is not in the similar footing. process of selection nege mahila sabha re
no.
final kara gala. I have continued for
no.
I have continued for 3 years.
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କାହିଁ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସାର୍? ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ୱିଡୋ କୁ ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ ଦିଆଯିବା ଏମିତି ନ କହିକିରି ୱିଡୋ ଥିଲେ ଏତିକି ମାର୍କ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ପାଇବ, ଇଏ ଥିଲେ ଏତିକି ମାର୍କ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ପାଇବ, ଏମିତି ମାର୍କ ଯୋଡ଼ି ଦେଲେ ଯାଆନ୍ତା। ଆଉ ଛାଡକୁ ୱିଡୋ ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ କାହିଁ ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ ନା ପଏଣ୍ଟରେ ଆପଣ ପଏଣ୍ଟରେ କନଭର୍ଟ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ସପୋଜ 5ଟା ୱିଡୋ ଥିବ, ଅଲଗା ଆଡୁ ମାର୍କ ସପୋଜ ସେ ଜାଗାରେ 5ଟା ୱିଡୋ ଥିବ, ୱିଡୋ ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ ଦିଆହେଇଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କୋଉ ୱିଡୋକୁ ନେବେ? 5ଟା ଯାକ ୱିଡୋ କୋଉଟାକୁ ନେବେ? ତ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଯଦି କରିଦେବେ କଣ ହବ? ଯାହାର ଯେ ଅଧିକ ମାର୍କ ହେଲା ସେ ଯିବ। ଏଇ ତ କଥା କି ଭୋଟ ଅଧିକା ହବ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ମିଶେଇ ଦେବେ। ସପୋଜ 95ଟା ଭୋଟ ପାଇଲା, ଆଉ ଜଣେ ଏପଟୁ 3 ପାଇଲା, ସପୋଜ 98 ତାର ଅଧିକା ହେଲା।
To take instructions regarding the in case of Anganwadi manner, the sub-collector is the first appellate authority and the ADM or DM or ADM is the second appellate authority. Now we can challenge that before the ADM or
এটা কেবে কার অর্ডার স্যার?
2021 ro
23 অর্ডার এবে ইয়ে কার অর্ডার?
এটা সব কলেক্টরଙ୍କ অর্ডার।
সব কলেক্টর অর্ডার এগেন্স কার কোটি দিবে?
সে as per the new guideline
যাନ୍ତୁ সেটি
ADM
যাନ୍ତୁ সেটি যাନ୍ତୁ।
I may be allowed to continue because I am continuing.
You are continue, you continue till that, not problem.
Your lordship may observe that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Since
Please. May submit your lordship.
As per the yes, what who are you?
Lordship, I am for the respondent number 4.
Yes.
Your lordship, I have already been issued the appointment letter and I am already continuing.
क्या बात है?
Since 2021 I am continuing, but I am there. And the order is passed, the order is, my lord.
ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଯିଏ ଯାହା କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରନ୍ତି। କିଏ
order
କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ
ହେଇଛି
କିଏ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛି?
order
status quo ante.
At 26/7/2023 the order is passed. He is claiming that how can he continue? But I am since 2021 I am continuing.
Sir, ଏବେ ତ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆଗଲା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା 2 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି ମୁଁ ରହିଛି, ସିଏ ତା ଭିତରେ ଯଦି
ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ଅର୍ଡର ଟୁ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ ଯଦି ଷ୍ଟେ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇଦେବି ତାହେଲେ ସିଏ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରିବେ।
allow me to continue because I have completed 2 years.
ମୁଁ କିଛି
2 years my lord.
ତାକୁ ବି କହୁନି, ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କିଏ କିଛି କରନ୍ତୁନି।
15 ଦିନ ପାଇଁ ଜବାବ
ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଅପିଲ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିବ। ଲେଖ the petitioner to file and the appeal before the appropriate court and the court shall dispose of the said appeal within 2 months from today. ହେଲା ଏକଡି dispose ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ।
ADM କଟକ
ମୁଁ କାଇଁ ଲେଖିବି? ଆପଣ appropriate authority ଲେଖି ଯୋଉଟା ଯିବି, ମୁଁ କାଇଁ ସବୁ ଲେଖିବି? ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି, ମୁଁ କାଇଁ ଲେଖିବି?
That will create confusion because the
confusion guideline ଅଛି, confusion କୋଉଠି ହେଲା? ଲେଖିଦେ /ADM ହେଲା 2 ମାସ ଛାଡିଦେବେ ଗଲା। ଆପଣ ଇଏ
କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଟିକେ ପରମିଶନ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଆମେ
ସେ ପୁରା ଆପଣ ପାଇଲେନି କହୁଛନ୍ତି?
ପାଇଲେ 2021 ରୁ ଆଡମିଟେଡଲି ମୁଁ ଅଛି।
ଆପଣ କେବେ ପାଇଲେ ସାର୍?
4th August 23.
4 August 23.
Immediately after the order is passed.
ଆପଣ ପଛେ ବନ୍ଦ, ସେ ଆଗ ବନ୍ଦ, ସିନିୟରିଟି ରେ ସେ ପାଇବ। ଆପଣ because of that sub collector's order.
Yes, your lordship.
Sub collector order is 26/7/2023.
ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ କେବେ ଏଠି?
Immediately thereafter मतलब I filed it on 11/8/2023. How can he continue
filed a caveat in this honorable court? Without serving me, they have filed the petition in the High Court and without serving me also.
ସେ ଅଲରେଡି ସେ ବି କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, କଣ କରିବା? କିଛି ବି କରୁନି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଅଛି କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଏସନ।
ଲେଟ୍ 2 ମାସ ଭିତରେ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଦେଖିବା ହେଲା। ନହେଲେ ଏଠି ତ ଆସିବେ ପୁଣି ଫାଇନାଲ ଦେଖିବା। ଲେଟ୍ ଦେମ୍ dispose of this. ଏତେ ଦିନ ଅଟକିଲେନି, ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଅଟକି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ।
ତ ଜବରଦସ୍ତି ଆସି ପଲିଟିକାଲି ହେଇକିରି ତା ଦେହରେ ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଟା
everybody knows sir, many things we know but every time we can't
ଏ ଲୋକଟା 2 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ସର୍ଭିସ ଦଉଛି to the ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି।
कोई बात नहीं।
And he has also crossed the maximum age limit for any other employment.
ଖାଇଯାଉ କେସ୍ ଆପଣ ଜିତିଲେ बट आपन जो प्रिंसिपल को जे प्रिंसिपल एट लागू हेबनी
प्रिंसिपल है सेटा हम 24
सर
पाराटा
अपन
देखिले
एबे मु गुडे जजमेंट देछि कोन गुडे देछि सेटा भूली गेछि गुडे ग्राम रोजगार सेवक बोले
आज्ञा
से गुडे देछि से प्रिंसिपल लागू हेबनी कान बी एटी जेतु कहै वीकर सेक्शन वीमेन विडो एमन को प्रेफरेंस दिया जाय माने प्रेफरेंस दिया जाय अर्थ नै जे पूरा मार्क टाइप हेले से प्रेफरेंस आसीबो दैट इज रॉन्ग प्रिंसिपल प्रेफरेंस दिया जाय माने दिया जाय नाही जेतु से गोटे अछि से पाइबो तेनु आई एम श्योर आपनकर सेठी गले भी आपन हारिबे
प्रेफरेंस पार्ट है एडवाइजरी भले
एडवाइजरी बिल्कुल नै 100% एडवाइजरी
अल्टीमेटली महिला सभा has to decide
महिला सभा डिसाइड करिवो किंतु प्रेफरेंस हमन को दिया जिवो सर
आज्ञा सेटा प्रोविजन कोची जे
Lordship, another judgment in
to
Sulekha
be
Sahu,
eligible
same detainer, my case is squarely covered of this honorable court. I
to
have
be
the judgment.
eligible
Oh, I want Supreme Court.
following eligibility
I have quoted Supreme Court judgment in that case. I have extensively I have dealt with that issue. पूरा 5-7 major Supreme Court judgment है वो deal करते हैं. And generally I don't quote High Court order. Most of my 99.9% of my cases are quote I borrow from Supreme Court order. High Court order rarely. वो division में गुड़े अच्छे बोलते हैं. है ना सेटा है लाओ ऊपर गले का असुविधा नहीं. सेठी से सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑर्डर दे
सेठी
किसी कर करी अब एटी एंती गोटे ऑर्डर दे देबी काली आ चेंज कर दो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑर्डर दे चेंज कर परिबे सेति नै आई ऑलवेज इंसिस्ट सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट दियंतु अपन दियंतु नि हाई कोर्ट नियंतु पड़छ सुप्रीम कोर्ट दियंतु कोर्ट दियंतु आप हाई कोर्ट जे सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट कोर्ट करछि ना दियंतु मना नै आ एंती खाली गोटे दे देबे गोटे दया कला वाले ऑर्डर पास तो से ऑर्डर
नहीं नहीं इधर कोर्ट ही सब जिंस सेट पे मु आनथली एंड दिस हैज बीन फॉलोड आल्सो इन वेरी मेनी केसेस सेम प्रिंसिपल योर लॉर्डशिप
दिस इज ऑन अ डिफरेंट फुटिंग एटा बहुत क्रीमी लेयर कथा
नहीं
क्रीमी लेयर इज इन अ डिफरेंट फुटिंग
नहीं दैट इज नॉट द केस
नो सर
अंगनवाड़ी केस इतरे
अंगनवाड़ी हो लगे देले अंगनवाड़ी रे कांटेक्ट कला
मार्क सेम मार्क पाइतले
प्रिंसिपल wrongly applied in that case that judgment of that paragraph is wrongly applied in this case आपण आणुछन्ती wrongly apply करछन्ती that is a totally different footing
अच्छा इट इज सेम मार्क दियो जाक पाइतले
सेम मार्क हेतिले भी सर
सेम मार्क
जनरली एटा जेतु गुडे एटा कोन गुडे स्कीमेटिक जिंसटा सेतेडा जे स्कीम गवर्नमेंट चाहूची जे नहीं एमती लोक माने पाइबे आ आपण सेठी समान मार्क हेतियो तापर जे इंडिकेशन दैट्स रॉन्ग सेमता अप्लाई होइनी सेमती अप्लाई तो केई पाइबेनी आता प्रेफरेंस लाभ कोन था सेमती होइनी नेक्स्ट
item 44
मैं पूजा लॉर्डशिप माइनस ये द एडवर्टाइजमेंट अंडर एनेक्स 1 पेज 10
एटा लिखा दरकार इनोसेंट पुअर लेडी लिखा दरकार सर इज इट नेसेसरी दिस लाइन टू बी रिटन इनोसेंट पुअर लेडी दीटा एटा अछि कोन एडजेक्टिव
फॉर्मेट अच्छे लिखा
फॉर्मेट
आगे
ठीक है फॉर्मेट रो बाहर तो ठीक है आपण जते सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट पढिबे ठीक आईडिया हो अगर एंती खाली से घिसापटा फॉर्मेट थियो ना एंती पढी थी हां सेंती डेली एज बिकॉज कहतु यार आपको पढिबे एज जहा बिकॉज था समझते एज बिकॉज किंतु दुईटा समान एज और बिकॉज दुईटा तो सेम जिंस मीनिंग एका संग किंतु रहइबो मु जानि पाउनी टुडे आदर से एज और बिकॉज सेंता कोन फॉर्मेट चल छंदी
अगेन
चेंज द फॉर्मेट यस
the challenge made lordship annexed 1 the in respect of serial number 6 the service area
who is the selecting he is selecting
before selection I have challenged this the selection of I am only challenging the service area to seeking direction to the authorities to change the service area mentioned in the advertisement.
So your grievance is with respect to the service area, not that you have selection.
No, my lords. Yes, the annexed 1 page.
Chamakpur.
No, my lords. Chamakpur AWC number Dubai Kutinda Bhuya Sai Anganwadi Center lordship. This mentioned the Ajay Nayak घर number 1 पाखरु रुद्रमुंडा का घर number 78 पर्यंत.
What is the problem?
Problem है lordship. this is the service area, mention the house number previously. Thereafter, Lordship, the entire area has been submerged to the irrigation project area, Lordship.
Oh, acha.
Thereafter, all have the inhabitants of 40 family,
Shifted
they have
to
been
some other-
evacuated to another place.
I think
And
there
there
are
is
some cases pending on the Suktir project area also.
the
This is which district?
Keunjhar, Lordship, Champua.
That he
Then
projects are
Dhobakutunda RR colony newly formatted, and there 40% have been given homestead land and house by the government.
So you are saying that there should be one.
And the AWC,
You take instruction, Mr.
instruction already
No,
anichanti.
he has raised a valid point because see, people have been,
And
even I think few cases I have posted on some other day. There are cases pertaining to Suktir project in district Balangir. There also so many villages have submerged in the this river water. So they have been shifted to some other place and they are also same similar prayer they have made.
ମୁଁ କହିସାରେ ମୁଁ yes yes the my humble submission, Lordship, the entire 40 family, they have been shifted to new RR colony, and the Anganwadi center, the present Dhubakutinda Bhuya Sai Anganwadi center is also shifted and working there in the RR colony, where the 40 families evacuated and stayed, Lordship. Now the advertisement came stating the previous house number, Lordship, though some of
That can't be.
they can be,
There's a new
but
place, then
yes,
the house
Lordship.
number will be different.
Now the
So
as
your
per-
grievance is that the house number can't be same.
yes,
That will be
Lordship.
different.
Yes, Lordship. And in compliance to the direction by your Lordship, they have filed the counter affidavit.
Yes.
And they have admitted the case, your Lordship. So far, the change of area, they have admitted. And how and under what authority they have given, your Lordship, I will place only 3 paragraphs of their counter affidavit.
According to you, what should be done?
The service area should be changed. The RR colony persons, 40 families residing there, they should be included
there
in
should
the
be- there
include
should
the service area of that Anganwadi center. Though Anganwadi center is working at RR colony, and but they have in para 5 of the counter affidavit, the state file, I invite your Lordship 3 paragraph. I have to read your Lordship with your Lordship's permitter.
Please.
First paragraph 5 of the counter affidavit, that the aberrations made in para 1 of the read petition are not correct and are hereby denied. Dhobakutinda Bhuya Sai under Chamakpur Gram Panchayat is coming under rural area, but not under Barbil municipality area as alleged by the petitioner. This implies that the petitioner has filed the present read petition under misconception. As regards the aberrament of the petitioner that the service area mentioned in serial number 6 of the Anganwadi relating to service area is wrong, it is humbly submitted that as per the survey register of Anganwadi worker, the service area has been determined. Eta kebe heichi se lekhileni, eta previously. I am not denying. जो register of Anganwadi worker, eta previously jota thala seta se lekhichante, kintu kebe heitila seta lekhunanti, before shifting or after shifting. However, even if the petitioner does not come under the service area, she, along with the other applicants of the submerged area, Dhabakutunda area, were allowed to participate in the selection process as per the advertisement number for the post of Anganwadi. How it is possible? The advertisement specifically stated that the applicant should be within the service area specified in the advertisement. The state is filing this affidavit stating that even though we are not belongs to the service area, they have allowed us to participate in the proceeding. How it is possible? Is it permissible under the law? That which clearly says that they have admitted that they have shifted the service area.
On the basis
Then-
of the shifting of their place of residence. Place of residence has been shifted now. So on that basis, why don't you demarcate the service area differently and accordingly? We take instruction on that point. That is the only case here.
My learned friend's client participated in the advertisement.
Forget
but
all these
after
things.
get-
Forget all these things.
Yes, after getting unsuccessful, he simply challenging
Anyway,
the advertisement.
anyway, but something has to be
They
rectified also.
participated there.
Okay, fine, that part. is okay. But something that is mistake has been committed by the authority, they should also rectify that.
ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା କରିବି।
Okay, that will do
Settlement
that part.
instructions.
You first do that, then we'll see the other part. Okay. That concerns state to take instruction.
And once you are
As to
participating,
why
let's
after the,
suppose
when the people have been displaced from one area to another area, why has there not been any the demarcation of the new survey area? As per the guideline. Let him take it. January.
Entry mode continue lords.
Entry mode to continue 10th. Kौन entry mode?
Oblige lords.
10th. Just
10th
that
one.
part only, because that is very pertinent question. If people are shifting from one place to another place, so there should be new demarcation, new house number, everything new. So according to your whatever steps taken by the government, that should be in accordance with the new thing, not the older thing that you see is everything. No? Next.
Oblige.
Yeah. 44.
Item 45.
45.
10th of November.
45.
April, Your Lordship. My claim relates to compensation on account of death of the wife of the petitioner.
Communal violence. Kandhamal. Finance.
Nah.
And it a covenant.
The case of the petitioner was that apprehending danger to the life, both husband and the wife, they fled into the jungle. And while taking shelter, the wife, who was in a carrying stage, was bitten by a snake on 5th night. On the snake biting.
Not communal violence.
During communal violence, they fled into the
When
jungle.
there is a communal player, she had to enter inside the jungle.
Jungle along with her husband. The wife was in a carrying stage.
To hide herself or himself.
Yes. And she was taken to the hospital, subdivisional hospital.
So the PM report says that we have.
No, she was declared dead in that hospital.
But must be PM report.
PM report was not there, but the discharge certificate declaring that her death has occurred due to snake bite. That's discharge certificate.
That's sufficient. And you do one thing. So why we are not believing the visitor certificate? Visitor certificate, what is that certificate?
Annexure 1, your lordship, it's a 2-line discharge certificate that was given by the subdivision hospital. That is page 10. Type copy maybe there in the file. It may be there in the file.
Why don't you do one thing? You get the original file. Once yeah. To get that Bisara certificate.
In my computer certificate, I have specifically mentioned page 9 and 3.
Okay.
A case of pregnancy with poisonous snake bite, thread bite. While she was sleeping in home, this is the history narrated by the petitioner.
Even if home also, if snake bite is there, she
সেটা হচ্ছে সেটা এটা 2008 সে মকিলা সে যে স্নেক বাইট পাই মকিলা গাইডলাইনটা সেটা আসলে 2015 না হ্যাভ অলসো আনেক্স দ্যাট ডকুমেন্ট
2008
না এটা 8 কেস 8 রে মকিলা
snake biting নথিলা there is no snake biting.
No, snake bite আসলে আমি তলে দিছি কোটা 2015 রে গাইডলাইন আছে. For this only compensation will be adequate compensation will be.
Agar nathila?
No, snake bite is incidentally that has taken place. The death occurred during communal violence on account of snake bite. But the fact remains that
communal violence killing, snake biting killing will be different.
No, but they had to, as your lordship immediately in the first observation was. That is not the case, my lord. In my representation to the collector, I have enclosed the certificate, I have enclosed the document while hiding and taking shelter in the jungle.
Another thing, my lord, persons those who were severely affected, whatever it may be in the communal lives, we have also provided the entire, granted the compensation.
My lord, that is the document which I have filed in my writ petition. That is not a new fact I have disclosing.
Compensation.
Sir, ultimately, you have been killed inside by snakes, right? But at that time, snake biting guideline was not there. And your claim that he died, she died or he died, whatever. She died because she ran into the forest. Forest gala ghar bhitre kudu aila.
That is the case there now.
That is the case that is the question I'm asking, sir. When I am running towards a forest,
My lord,
and there was a snake biting.
page 17 of my,
So at that point of time, the snake biting was not captured by the.
my claim is not because of compensation, not
Snake
because of-
biting was not captured by the department.
fact remains that she was killed because of snake bite, but all these things happened during that violence. Your lordship kindly see. Kindly see page 17. Page 17, your lordship kindly see.
But communal violence is our different.
Page 17 definitely. And there is no answer.
Sir, just explain me. I will be more than happy to. They should see or she should get some money. But the thing is, I should satisfy also.
Kindly look at the rejection order.
Pass some order.
Twice I have moved
guiding.
this honorable court. I filed a detailed representation before the collector claiming that the death occurred during that
आजा गोटे काम करो कंजम्यूर राइट रे केते अफेक्टेड थिले ए फैमिली अफेक्टेड थिले कि देखि दो अब से जाना पड़ियो आपण अफेक्टेड नथिले कि नथिले
Your lordship may kindly look at the impugned order. That is my
impugned order छाणंतु म एटा कंपनी कम्युनल ऑर्डर देखु छु
Annex 2 in my read petition.
आपण को विलेज कहले विलेज कोडा विलेज रे ना कोन
Kanja Mendi.
Kanja Mendi village अछि देखलो.
That is in my cause title.
Kanja Mendi तो नहीं.
39 persons.
पर Kanja Mendi village नहीं.
39 persons.
Ganjuguda अछि.
Again. 39 persons. This is the document I have enclosed in my writ petition. And earlier.
But Kandhamal land बड़े को village रे दंगा ହେଇଥିଲା. Who house affected heathily, there is a detailed report. So in that report,
it's a locality
not there, sir.
It's a locality.
I have also added that and it's a C/3. I am directed to say that government have agreed to pay additional compensations to the victim of Kandhamal violence 2018 as directed by the Honorable Supreme Court of India in aforementioned case. Required funds have also been released from Chief Minister's relief fund by government in GA department letter number so and so copy enclosed. You are therefore requested to disburse the amount of rupees 15 crore 33 lakh 20,000 to the victims fully.
Fine, but
that
is my grievance, my lord. My case was not considered. That is my grievance. And raising my grievance, I have approached the collector pursuant to the direction issued by this honorable court.
sir. ଆପଣ ଆସୁନି
ନାଇଁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଇମ୍ପୁଗ୍ଡ ଅର୍ଡରରେ
ଆପଣ କଣ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ପେଜ 17
ଏଇଥିରେ କଣ
ପେଜ 17 କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏନକ୍ଲୋଜିଂ ଦ ଡିସଚାର୍ଜ सर्टिफिकेट जोटा ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖେଇଲି and the certificate issued by the
certificate ଏଟା କଣ ଏଟା ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ
no that discharge certificate along with the certificate
discharge certificate snake biting ଲେଖିଦେଲା ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ରେ ପଡିଲା ଯାର ମରିଗଲା ତାପରେ ସେଟା କଣ କମ୍ୟୁନାଲ ଭାଇଲେନ୍ସ
ନା ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୋ କେସ୍ ଟା କନସିଡର କଲେନି I filed a representation before the collector ପାଖେ ଏଇ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଏନକ୍ଲୋଜ କଲି thereafter collector hearing ପାଇଁ ଡାକିଲି and only by mentioning 2 grounds my case for compensation was rejected by the collector. कौन से ground था non enumeration of his case. Second ground that
obviously that is the most important ground, sir. You are not part of that report.
No, that is
jete gaah re jete loko affected hele samasta gode enumerate kara gala.
It is a omission on the part of the district administration, my lord.
Sufficiently compensation there. Say that there is a difference than proceeding altogether.
Because माने non enumeration
साप कामुडा आसीबनी दंगा आसीबनी आउ किछि तीसरा अछि बोले कोन
non enumeration गोटे ग्राउंड
आउ किछि
गोटे रीजन साइड सेकेंडली
साप कामुडा आसुनी
My lord,
Ganga abhi
in
asu.
case the death has occurred during that time and
Death occurred. I have
impugned
sympathy
order,
for your death, but what to do, sir? Nothing can be done.
if your lordship will look at the impugned order, in their counter they have introduced this ground. While
Yeah,
sleeping in the house, she was bitten by snake, which was not there in the rejection order.
Even if in the forest also bitten by snake, at that point this was not there, sir.
Forest,
Something was not there.
Under compulsion, they had to flee to the forest, my
ये
lord.
देखिए
Your lordship,
सर अंडर
because
कंपल्सन सर फॉरेस्ट को जाइए फॉरेस्ट को ये कॉडी काटी जाइए कि नहीं
during that particular relevant time, they were there, and that is the certificate attached in the representation. And the collector did not inquire into the matter.
Okay, yes, look at this this village. If this person is anyway he is affected, just check कर दो. This village, this man just go around check कर दे. Finally, okay. Now it comes to the state to check whether the person, the petitioner, is affected by the communal violence took place in Kandhamal in the year 2008. देखो तो, just January 17.
In their counters, they have invented.
एड़ा सब inventing एड़ा सब after thought. इतने दिन परे एड़ा हठात मने पड़ी जो snake biting communal violence है wrong.
The petitioner has stated the fact.
No, stating this fact is not correct. Next.
46.
Just 46. 46.
Posted to
17
January 17.
7th.
17.
Lordship, on behalf of Ms. Mahapatra, can you address this matter to some other patient? She's not well.
January 18 कर दे. 47.
I am for the railway.
Railway.
Yes.
अब इधर रेलवे कौन अच्छी काम होगी 47 रेलवे रखी रोड 46 ऐड जन कर दे সেই যে এটা লেভেল ক্রসিং দিও না ଦି ଚାରିଟା ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ସାରଦା ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଲେଖିଦେ ସବୁ କଭର ହେଇଯିବ ଗଲା କାହିଁ ଏତେ ଅନମେଣ୍ଟ ବାଲା ସବୁ ଦୌଡୁଛନ୍ତି ଡେଲି ପାଇବାର ନାହିଁ ଯୋଗ୍ୟତା ପଳେଇ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ଦିଅ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ଯୋଉଟା ଆସିଛି ନା ଆସିବି ସମସ୍ତେ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବେ ଆସିକି କୋଡ ଦେଲା ସେ କୋଡ ଦେଲା ଗୋଟେ କୋଡ ଲମ୍ବା କରିଦେବି ଲେଖି
Actually, unmanned
give me some case law ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନା କିଛି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଆସିଷ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ହଉନି କୋଉଠୁ କଣ
unmanned guideline ଟା ନାହିଁ.
ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କିଛି କେସ୍ ଲାw ବି ଦେଇଦିଅ I want to clear all these doubts ହେଲା ଯୋଉଠି ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ କଭର କରୁଛି ସେଟା ସିନା ପାଇବେ ନେକ୍ସଟ
In 47 my lord.
Place the matter on 18 January दे दे बस
In 47 my lord, BPCL has filed a further counter my lord.
Kete
Additional
counter?
affidavit.
Kete
Additional
counter?
affidavit my lord. Along with a
Fine.
document.
Regarding
I will
grant
take a instruction my lord. I am the insurance company.
regarding grant of compensation for gas burning.
गैस बर्निंग अपन डीपीसीएल में
No, I am the insurance company my lord.
Huh?
BPCL my friend is here.
अपन कहाँ पे
I am the insurance company my lord. ICICI.
इंश्योरेंस कंपनी
My wife,
senior
my
is
wife was
तो अपन
I've given an affidavit, my lord. I've
I
sent
will
the
take it.
documents to the insurance company. And I have filed an affidavit to that.
I will take instruction my lord.
Learn concept of the BPCL submit that the entire documents have been remitted to the insurance company
On
and the-
25/9/2023.
25/9/2023.
Yes, madam.
23 and the insurance company to do the needful at the earliest possible, preferably within a period of 1 month from today. Process को दे दिया तो पांच दो
This is a claim has come after 5 years. So
खाने सुन दो गाँ गाने लोग
how अब दिन रहो हम पाइच नो पाइच अब दिन
हाँ ठीक है देखिए जोड़ी हवा दे दिया तू कौन क्लेम
हमें कहीं दबु नहीं है
आपण कहबे कोर्ट कहूची न देले आपण कोर्ट में डाकिबे कहबे
Rossi keep it to a day so that we can take instructions.
ओके मु मासे भीतर आउ दिन रखिबुनी
हां
हो रखि दूछ
ये 17 जनवरी की
17-18 जनवरी को दूछ ହେଲା देई दा दियंतु कोन कह दियंतु कोन एमती
मैं जल्दी जाई थी वो
लोक
saying because for
ए गां गहली नहीं सुनतु सुनतु ए इधर कोन होची प्रॉब्लम कोची गां गहली लोक माने जानि पारंदी शहर लोक भी जानि ना जे इंश्योरेंस कवर टे अछि बोले लोक को जणा नाही काहे ना ई जो ऑयल कंपनी गुडा केबे एडवर्टाइजमेंट करंती नी
नहीं
केबे कोटी लेखंती नी एबे गुडा ऑर्डर ए ऑर्डर लिखिबार देखो ऐसे लिखो दी ऑयल कंपनीज आर रिलेटेड टू learner concept for the insurance company submits that the petitioner has approached the approach for the compensation due to gas burning after 5 years.
4 years.
After 4 years.
4 years.
4 years. which is quite belated. Full stop. However, considering the illiteracy and unawareness of the people living in the rural areas and also in the urban areas, people do not know whether they are covered under insurance for any kind of accident due to gas leakage or not. Full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that because of the ignorance of the people regarding the insurance cover available to them, they claim much after the incident takes place.
Claim 4 मास ଭିତରେ ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି ହଜୁରଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ 4 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ claim 4
No,
ମାସ
no, not that. Insurance company,
Arre sir,
oil company, your lordship wanted to say oil company is not taking.
ଆସୁଛି ମୁଁ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ସିରିୟଲି ଆସିବି ନା ସିଷ୍ଟମାଟିକାଲି ଆଉ ତୁ ଜମ୍ ମାରିଦେବି କେମିତି ହବ?
ନାଇଁ ସିଏ possible
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଆଗ ପଛ କରି କହିବେ ଏଠି ମାନେ ହେଲା ସେ ପଏଣ୍ଟକୁ ଆଣିବି କେମିତି? There should be some coherence na in my thing. Considering all this, the rival contention of the parties, this court is of the view that the insurance companies are not advertising.
Oil companies.
Sorry, I'm so sorry. Oil companies are not advertising oil and the LPG, oil and natural gas.
Oil companies.
Oil companies. Oil companies are not advertising properly or creating awareness properly among the public regarding the
Insurance coverage.
The insurance coverage in case of any accident due to the leakage of the gas, leakage of the LPG. Full stop.
Accident cover is sufficient, my lord.
Clear लिखिदेले समस्त बुझिबे आज्ञा आपण सना बुझुछन्ती सब कॉमन मैन बुझिबा दरकार न हेलो नंबर 1 hence the insurance companies are directed to advertise about the insurance coverage sufficiently in mass media, and also every dealer should display a board stating that insurance coverage is available and the details modus operandi thereof. Hello.
Oil companies are directed, lordship will say.
Oil companies,
Insurance.
dealers are insurance coverage कहली.
नहीं sir, ता पूर्व जो.
Sir, move change कर दो डाल दो. I'll do that. Hello. एते पहले 7 2 नहीं आओ.
3:30 टा याला.
नहीं 3:30 टा पहनो. तो बलबल हल्ला तो स्टार्ट
नहीं ठीक है तो
your lordship
बस details
whatever corrections are required because it is oil company's duty to bring to the notice
of course company हला तापरे देखो henceforth sorry the oil companies are directed to place the notice board regarding the insurance coverage, noticing the insurance coverage to the general public in every in the front wall of the dealer office and also regularly create awareness among the public through newspaper, advertisement in the newspaper and
media,
electronic media. Hello.
I notice that.
In not this state only, I will not say.
Your lordship may sub aid, my lord, in the bills that they provide. So 900 टका आला.
Yeah, that is right. In addition, they should also print such information behind the back of the bill given to the petitioner.
Given to the customers.
Distributor. Sir, तमे
bill रे करिवे ना आपण instruction देले तो बनेबे bill तो आपण बना हुए ना सेमती.
Distributors, they have their bills.
sir bill re pacha pate sir format je se format throughout India follow karan
What he is saying, dealer, the oil company also take care that their distributors make such prints. That your lordship may say.
and this the oil company will ensure that
Board to
that the oil company will ensure that the distributor should print this information behind the bill and also in the book kor douchandi book ta
Safety.
nahi nahi card ta jo douchandi
Our card nahi.
card
card nahi donati
ATM driver card से नहीं उसे card नहीं sir से bill is sufficient.
bill re deo hela bill to asiba samast pakko asiba wale debe padibe samast
खाली गोटे मेसेज आउ
tapare jo na padle gala
Put upon 18th January.
18 January hela okay
sir kilo ନଥିଲେ ତ କିଛି ମିଳନ୍ତା ନାହିଁ ଗୋଳା kilo ଅଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି compensation ପାଉଛନ୍ତି ଲୋକ.
yes next
Order copy pen.
48
may I please
okay 2 weeks time granted to the state for filing their
in this case part payment has already been made
oh ठीक है de
Yes, but our payment time
20th December next
49.
49
My lord, I am for the petitioner, the opposite party, the commissioner for Chennai Municipal Corporation, my lord. And the commissioner has been willfully disobeyed the order of the work.
who is the opposite party ki achi
Commissioner for Chennai Municipal Corporation, my lord.
okay issue NBW against the Chennai Municipal Commissioner. Hello, the order will be communicated through the registry. Despite several communication several orders from this court ko order dated thila ketra order diye chi
5 December 2000.
5 December gote order
Good order.
out de jauta out kati jau out de dita jau tapare kare sendu kala diet bhalan out the fresh steps may be learned comes with the petitioner to take fresh steps to serve on the commissioner Chennai Municipal Corporation ଏବେ କିଛି କରନି ତାଙ୍କ ବିଚାର ଅବସ୍ଥା ବହୁତ ଖରାପ ବର୍ଷା ପାଣିରେ ଚେନ୍ନାଇ ଭାଇ ଡୁବୁଡୁବୁ ହଉଛି 5 December ଭୁଲଭାଲ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ 5 December କେତେବେଳେ ଥିଲା ଏଇ କେସ୍ କେତେବେଳେ ନଥିଲା ଭୁଲଭାଲ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସାର୍ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ yes 5 December କାଲି ଥିଲା
No, my lord. That was posted to pass 5th December. That matter did not come. 2 day list.
Earlier matter, when was it listed?
Yes,
I issued notice to the Chennai Municipal Commissioner.
Earlier matter 21st November 2000.
Okay, another chance may be granted to the petitioner to serve copy on the municipal commissioner by a registered post with AD registered post. Aguda thara diye diyantu. And registry is also directed to send a copy. Registry patela thik asibo. Registry of the High Court to also send a copy to the Municipal Commissioner Chennai. Hello.
My lord, my submission is that the claimants are related to very poor family and also I am coming from the outer state.
Lokoda asile to mu kon order pass karibi. Let the notice to make se asu se lokoda.
Only my humble submission.
All submission is
issued the NBW.
All submission is overruled. Unless 2 or 3 chances given, you can't issue NBW. That's wrong. I don't commit that one. Hello. 2-3 thar chance debe nahile karbe hatat NBW issue kar debi. That's wrong. Ee trial court uda sendi karante mo sendi karbi. Hello. Trial court sare nahile sign na kar debi. Ote charge to debo. Apna authore fresh e karantu. Fresh file karantu registry through dibo. Hello. A copy of the order shall also be intimated through registry. Intimated to the served to the council. Sorry, to the commissioner Chennai Municipal Corporation through registry. Let's see. This is the matter on January. January 24. Okay, what can do? We'll do that also, but not now.
50.
I thought 2-3 thar helani bhabutli. No, hey ni. Next.
Lordship, I have filed the IA to alter opposite party number 2 and 3.
Okay, you filed that? Okay, I is allowed. List the matter on January 10th. Next. Open now. Now, like
Yes, counter not received.
counter. Ki apna de.
No, no, my lord, the 40 days.
Who is the petitioner?
I am the petitioner.
Oh, counter. File the counter.
I am the open number 1. They are playing against our open number 2 and 3. Who is the supposed to file the counter?
Who is the open number 2 and 3?
MD Talcher Fertilizer and
So, Talcher fertilizer ki special council.
All accounts.
Apna government no tu na.
Talcher
Union of India no tu.
Talcher fertilizer all
time is kale.
अच्छा मिस्टर शक्तिधर आसिଛନ୍ତି କି
हाँ ସେଥିରେ appear
हाँ अच्छा अच्छा टाइम नहीं थी
25 January ଆସିବ
25 January ଆସୁତାଲ next
item 52
On behalf of Mr. N.K. Sahu, I am for OPs 7.
petitioner नहीं non appears for the petitioner list the matter on January 19
My senior name Mr. N.K. Sahu name.
कागज लिखी दियंतु मोर मन नहीं मोर I have a very poor memory please लिखी दियंतु हाँ next
item 53
As per the lordship's last direction, my lord, I already given 1 lakh rupees. Now the changing circumstances, my lord, your lordship's last order, my lord, they have suppressed the facts, my lord. Now the divorce has been granted. And
छाड़ंतु में suppress fact छाड़ंतु पैसा देले ना तब पहले पैसा लांतु छाड़
Here Millers,
ये suppress कला कौन कला आपण ये counter
No, here is the case.
दरकार नहीं मुझे उधर जिबार नहीं बिल्कुल किसी
No, my lord, as per the section 25 of the,
किसी सुनिवार नहीं
my lord, duration and alteration of the order.
पहले आपण
Millers, I have received Millers.
You received-
Total area is 6
आज
No,
ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
କେତେ ପାଇବା କଥା ଆପଣ
6 ଲକ୍ଷ 30
No,
ହଜାର
no, lordship. Your lordship calculate
6
as
ଲକ୍ଷ
per
30
the,
ହଜାର
the order has been modified in the criminal appeal. They have challenged the modified order passed by the appeal. My lord, I have challenged both the court's order.
anyway what is the last order
Plus the last order is at page Millers 86 Millers, para 14 Millers. The order passed by the Lord Session Judge Sambalpur.
କେତେ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ କହିଥିଲା
5000 ଟଙ୍କା ଥିଲା ତାକୁ କମେଇ ଦେଇକି 2500 କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି 2500 ଗୋଟେ ପିଲା ଚଳି
appellate court
ଆପିଲେଟ୍ କୋର୍ଟଟା
ଆପଣ କଣ କରନ୍ତି
My lord,
Software engineer.
Software engineer, ଚେନ୍ନାଇ ରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଚାକିରି କରୁଥିଲି 2016 ରୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ resign କରିଛି
କାହିଁକି
ଆଜ୍ଞା resign କରିଛ ନା your lordship last time my lord directed my lord
5000 rupees ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା 5000 ଟଙ୍କା sir ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ both are simultaneously my lord run my lord here is the case my lord the divorce has been granted permanent aliven my lord I have why 2005
then why this case then
Because divorce was granted on 18 May.
they have not disclosed
divorce grant ଆପଣ appeal ରେ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି କି
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ସେଟା ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରିନି
ମାଟାରେ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରିନି ମୁଁ ତ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରିନି
ରୁନାନ୍ତି ଫେର କଣ ପାଇଁ domestic violence କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ଡୋମେଷ୍ଟିକ ଭାୟୋଲେନ୍ସ ଟା ହେଇଥିଲା 2016 Millers
balance close
ସେ 24 ରେ 4000 ପାଉଥିଲେ
ବର୍ଷ ସାରା ଝୁଣି ଚାଲିଥିବେ ସେ ଲୋକଟା ନା
ନାଇଁ 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 2016 ଏଟା ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଥିଲା
ଆପଣ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ପାଇଲେ
ପରମାନେଣ୍ଟ ଆଲୁମିନିୟମ ସେ ଟଙ୍କାଟି ବି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
ନା ଗୋଟେ ଟଙ୍କାଟି ବି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
now the judgment has been passed
ପଇସା ଦେଇ ସାରିଲା ପରେ କହିବେ ମୁଁ ଏଟା କ୍ୟାନ୍ସେଲ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କହିଦେବି ଡିବି ଆକ୍ଟ କ୍ଲୋଜ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କହିଦେବି ଆଉ ପଇସା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସବୁ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ପାଇଁ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇଛି
15 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା କରିଛନ୍ତି alimony ତାପରେ 3 lakhs some odd amounts my lord
ସବୁ amount ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ I will pass order to close the DB case
my lord I will take instruction
ହେଲା ଖତମ କରନ୍ତୁ କାହିଁ ଯେ ଯା ବାଟେ କେତେ ଏଜ ହଉଛି
my lord may I pray one thing
ଏଇ ଝିଅ ପୁଅ ଝିଅ କେତେ ଏଜ ହଉଛି
sir ଅଳ୍ପ ବୟସ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଅଳ୍ପ ବୟସ ଆଉ
28 ବର୍ଷ ତାକୁ ହେଲା
ଶାନ୍ତିରେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ କାହିଁ
your lordship may I pray my lord one thing my lord your lordship both the parties appear before lordships କାରଣ my instruction she already married during pending proceeding divorce proceeding
ହେଲା ଭଲ କଥା ମେରିଗଲା କଲା ଆପଣ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେ ପୁଣି ଏଠି ପଇସା ନଉଛନ୍ତି they are separate and they are
false allegation false not married
your lordship my lord both the parties my lord
grant ହେଇଗଲାଣି
Millers
କେତେ କେବେ ହେଇଛି
18 May 2023
23 ରହିଛି
Millers
ଆପଣ ମାଟା ଫାଇଲ କରିବା କଥା କରନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ ନ କରୁଛୁ ଅଛି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଚୁପଚାପ ଘରେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ପଇସା ଆପଣ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ DB act କ୍ଲୋଜ ହେଇଯିବ ଖତମ DB act କ୍ଲୋଜ ହେଇଯିବ ଆପଣ ପଇସା ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କେବେ ଦେବେ
I will take instruction
take instruction Arkas with take instruction regarding the payment of the permanent alimony passed by the family court,
Judge Family Court Sambalpur.
judge family court Sambalpur. Okay, list the matter on January, like the January 10.
In CP number 65
Personal appearance ହେଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସବୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା sort out ହେଇଯିବ।
ବହୁତ ଥର
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
କିଛି ଲାଭ
personal appearance କରିଦେଇ ସେଦିନ।
କିଛି ଲାଭ ନାହିଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହେଲା?
ନାଇଁ ମୋର ଅସୁବିଧା କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
Personally appear with the lordships,
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ବହୁତ
the
ଥର
matter
order
will be end.
ମୁଁ ଲାଭ ପାଇଁ କହୁନି, ଅଲଗା ଜିନିଷ ପାଇଁ କହୁଛି। ଆପଣ ଡାକନ୍ତୁ। Both the on that day, I'll fix the matter at 2 p.m. And on that day, both the petitioner and the respondent shall be present before this court. Allah, obliged. Will be present before the chamber. Allah.
କେବେକୁ
Chamber ରେ।
କେବେକୁ ରଖ
10 ରେ ପରା?
ଜାନୁଆରୀ 10
ହଁ ନେଇକି ଆସିବି ଆପଣ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ। କି ବାହା ହେଇଛି କି ହେଉଛି ଜଣା ପଡିଯିବ।
କିଛି ବାହା ହେଇନି ଆଜ୍ଞା ମିଛ କଥା ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ବାହା ହେଇନି।
ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ୱରି। ଆସିଲେ ସତ କଥା ଜଣା ପଡିବନି। ବାହା ଯଦି ତୁ ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ ଫାଇଲ କରିବି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ହଁ ଚାଲ ଆସନ୍ତୁ।
ପୂର୍ବ I beg apology, ପୂର୍ବ I don't have 52.
52
ଜାନୁଆରୀ
ଜାନୁଆରୀ ଏ ଯୋଉ ଅର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ ତ?
ନାଇଁ urgent.
ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ
Non appearance.
54
Item 54, I mean, we see
Lord,
my
I heard
associate.
this matter on the last occasion.
54
My lord.
Let me,
कौन
as a
matter
petitioner,
था?
It's
let me
revision.
just submit,
My
I
lord,
am the
is directed
petitioner.
for filing of written note.
Huh?
My lord, that's a revision petition. I am for the opposite party number 2 arising out of that 138 NIR.
You file the
Written note I am made.
I am for the petitioner.
It is argument is over.
Yes, my lord, has heard on that day and directed to file. Last order also reflects that for filing of
Le-
writ-
le- The argument was never heard, but your lordship has
Okay,
stated
anyway,
that-
I am fixing it for argument on the
My lord,
18 रे आगो
my lord, it's a short matter.
18
arising out of 138.
ना
Confirming order of
ठीक
conviction is
है
there.
18 रे आउथर ले सुन देले कोनटा सुधाई जी
Can it co-
पैसा
can it
35
come on-
Okay,
can it
18
come on-
18
No,
18
sorry,
at
I'm not. No, on 19, man. 18, I'm not.
Okay,
available.
19
Well, I'm
19 Okay, let him argue. What's the problem?
Grateful, man.
18 note चलते
Okay, 18 give it. You also give a note, Mr. Acharya.
Sure. I'll do
On that day.
My associate is there. He's just passing.
Okay, let him give it. Next.
They have also filed the written note, my lord. So it can
Okay.
be-
So fine, let's keep it in that file. बस ये scan होने की सब बोला है ना scan होने individual
Written notes वाला scan होने actually.
scan कर दो ना kind of problem है 55
For a small adjournment.
okay small move to long day
My lord,
February
appearing for opposite party.
5th February
138 NI Act matter.
5th February
Since 2019.
6th February ଆପଣ ଯଦି କହିକି ଯିବେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ବଢି ବଢି ଯିବେ ଆସୁ ଫେବ୍ରୁଆରୀ କଣ
January 1st.
ନାଇଁ ବହୁତ ପ୍ରେସର
2009.
I may not be holding this man.
Only I request your lordship in January.
Next.
My lord.
ଆସୁ
January.
ଓ ଜାନୁଆରୀ ଦେଇଦିଅ 31st ଜାନୁଆରୀ ହେଲା 31st ଜାନୁଆରୀ ତ ଦେଲି
A matter of 1 lakh.
ସାର୍ 1 ଲାख ତ କହିଥିବେ ତ କାହିଁ ଚିନ୍ତା କରୁଛନ୍ତି 1 ଲାख ଆଜିକାଲି କଣ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆରାମସେ you should forget it. Next
57.
57
For a small adjournment.
କୋଟେଶ୍ୱର ରାଓ ସୁବୁଦ୍ଧି
Yes,
କଣ
Lord. Lordship, I pray for a small adjournment,
କଣ
Your Lordship.
ଇସ୍ୟୁଟା
Enact issue, Your
ଆଚ୍ଛା
Lordship.
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଜାନୁଆରୀ ମାସ ଦେଇଦିଅ ଜାନୁଆରୀ 10th 11
Oblige.
okay next
58.
58 पढ़ गए जफरुल्ला साहब जाफरानी पल्लव खाई से पढ़ले एनीवे दे दियो 13th नहीं जनवरी रे केते अछि 12 दे दियो 12 जनवरी
59.
जूरिया के जूरिया 9 3 जनवरी दे दियो 14 जनवरी नहीं केते
I'm meeting on behalf of Umangar Mahapatra, advocate for the petition.
I am not able to hear you, sir. Our voice is Subuni.
My lord,
Our voice Subuni बोलोगे
my lord, let this,
कौन चाहते
my lord,
अरे कौन चाहते कौन तुम
my lord, adjourn this,
हाँ मुझे तो कल
adjourn this matter to January.
ऑलरेडी कराई सालानी
Okay.
दे दो जनवरी
Okay.
जनवरी मास
14.
14 12 जनवरी 14 तो संडे बाबू हाँ संडे नहीं हाँ 40 संडे 12 January ହେଲା next
Item 60.
60
Math legalers.
କଣ ଅଛି?
Earlier had this matter lordship and issue notice to the opposite party. And my lord, case is like that, my lord. The petitioner is the grandfather of the person who is in custody of the my lord OP number 2, my lord.
My lord, case is
petitioner
not
is the grandfather.
Grandfather.
କଣ ପାଇଁ
maternal
ଆସିଛି?
grandfather, my lord. He is the
କଣ ପାଇଁ
maternal.
ଆସିଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
Take that, 97 order.
Again, the my lord, 97 CRPC was filed by the petitioner before the Lana SDM Jaspur, my lord,
For what?
for to take back the
Child.
child, my lord. The mother of the
Oh, acha, in that case, the paternal grandfather wants the child.
Maternal grand. He is the maternal grand.
Sorry, maternal grandfather.
Grandfather.
How he's in custody.
No,
custody of the
his
custody, my
father is
lord.
also
Father in custody. The child's father is in custody.
custody.
I remember, sir. I remember.
My.
ଆଉ ଅପର ପକ୍ଷେ
He has
ଆପଣଙ୍କର
filed an application under section 97 for cross.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଇଏ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଆପଣ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡଫାଦର
Grandfather, mother and other family members are
ମାନେ
there.
ଆପଣ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ପୁଅ
ପୁଅ
ପଟକର
ପାଇଁ,
ଆଉ
ପୁଅର
ଝିଅ
ବାପା
ପଟକର।
ମା।
ଓକେ ଅଜା ଆଉ
97 under
ଜେଜେବାପା।
section 97 for cross production of the
କେତେ କେତେ ଏଜ ହଉଛି ଛୁଆର?
1 year 3 months, my lord.
on the allegation that
Only 1 year 3 months.
ଆପଣ ଘରେ କିଏ କିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ?
ଅଜା ଅଛନ୍ତି, ଆଈ ଅଛନ୍ତି।
ଆଉ ଅଜା
ଅଜା
ଆଈର ବୟସ କେତେ?
ଅଜା 40 years.
ହାଁ
32.
32 ର ଅଜା?
Sorry, sorry.
ଏ
ଅଜା
କଣ ମ?
48, my lord.
48 ର ଅଜା? ବଢିଆ।
Correct, young age.
ତ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କର
ଝିଅ ବର୍ଷର
ଆଉ ୟାଙ୍କର
ଆଈଙ୍କର ବୟସ ବି
ଏଠି ରହିଲେ ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହେଲା ୟାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ?
ଝିଅଟାକୁ ମାରିଦେଲେ।
କିଏ ମାରିଥିଲା?
Man, the family members, my lord. 302 case has been registered against them. 498,
ତାହେଲେ ୟାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ରହିବ।
my lord, charge sheet has been filed indicating that a false case has been filed.
ଫଲ୍ସ ପଛରେ ଦେଖା ହବ ଫିଲହାଲ till you are absolved from that charges you cannot be you cannot be trusted.
My lord,
Child should be with them.
My lord, the child is in the custody of his grandfather and grandmother.
Paternal ନା maternal?
Paternal grandfather.
ଏବେ maternal ପାଖରେ ରହିବ। child ଛୋଟ ପିଲାଟା
ଛୋଟ ପିଲାଟା ସାର୍ ତାର ନିଜ ଅଜା ଆଈ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି।
ହଁ ଅଜା ଆଈ ପାଖରେ ରହିଲେ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା?
ଜେଜେଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ
ଜେଜେଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି।
ହଁ
ନିଜ ଫାଦର ପାଖରେ ଅଛି।
ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ କିଛି ଦିନ ରହୁ।
My lord, because with a malified intention such type of case has been
anyway sir why malified intention ତାଙ୍କର ବି equal right ଅଛି।
sir ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ବର୍ଷ
anticipatory bail file କଲୁ sir।
ଗୋଟେ ବର୍ଷ ସେ ରହିବ।
ନାଇଁ sir ଯେତେବେଳେ anticipatory bail
I'm passing order 1 year ସେଠି ରହିବ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ କେତେ ଦିନ ରହିଲାଣି?
only 2 months my lord।
ଆଉ ଆଗରୁ କୋଉଠି ଥିଲା?
after the mother ପାଖରେ ଥିଲା।
mother କୋଉଠି ଥିଲା?
mother ଆଙ୍କରି ହୋଇଥିଲା।
ତା ଘରେ
ଯୋଉ grandfather ପାଖରେ father ପାଖରେ
maternal paternal grandfather ପାଖରେ। ଆଚ୍ଛା ଫିର ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହେଲା ଏବେ ଯାଉ?
paternal father ନଥିଲା।
ସାର୍ କଣ ଖାଲି ଆପଣ paternal side ହେଲେ ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଇଏ ରାଇଟ୍ ନାହିଁ କିଛି?
ରାଇଟ୍ ସାର୍ ମନା କରୁନୁ।
why
intention of the parties my lord, I am submitting that his daughter was given proper treatment for 2 months medical treatment each day my lord. In order to harass the petitioners they have filed such type of case my lord, and in the anticipatory bail they have engaged a lawyer to cancel their ultimately they have obtained an anticipatory bail, so also the charge sheet has been
all
filed.
these things don't say.
My lord, in the meantime my lord, charge sheet has been
I
filed
am
my lord.
only saying that let the child be kept with by the maternal grandparents for 1 year after that receipt.
My lord, under section 97 my lord, they have to go
section
for
problem solve हुएनी
my lord,
section problem solve होनी आपण ये
they have to file appropriate application before the civil court for taking custody of the child for
High Court has no jurisdiction.
that is not the point. 97 is 7%.
Custody under what's the guardianship?
Guardianship act they have to file an application before
এটা
97% CRPC so post production. Post production of the child. So lordship may give me time to file a counter application.
Okay, file your counter.
The child
file the counter,
my lord, this case is also maintainable my lord.
Okay, list the matter on 9th ହେଲା file କରନ୍ତୁ।
This case is also not maintainable.
देखिए
For the custody of the child, they have to file application
Yes, I
before the minor and guardian.
You are right. But let him file it.
My lord, in the meantime, charge sheet has been filed.
Oh.
And the conduct of the petitioner is clearly shows that prior to